Let's go going crazy. Bad bitch see this motion. Let's go. Let's go booming in this bitch, nigga. On my phone. What the fuck my what the fuck my phone? Damn. What the fuck my phone? I'm in a NASDAQ trade, I'm holding loans. Niggas think they keeping up, they must have lost some chromosomes. I got bitches in my crib that don't wanna leave like Home Alone. I was broke as hell, we ain't gourmet ramen noodles, I had to make shit shake. Love gon' come around when you getting paper, just know that shit fake. Keep my circle smaller than the grape, don't need niggas in my face. I can't be in a room with broke ass niggas, I start feeling out of place. Take your time, let nigga go your pace, this shit is not a race. Niggas playing way too many games, fuck around and got a race. SIT my bitch in the passenger seat, like, do you got a race? Blessing on these niggas so goddamn hard, I know they got a shit. Let's go. I don't got time for playing no games, and I don't got time for messing with hoes. So many cars I got outside, I changed my whip, I can change my clothes. Put the
What's up, everybody?
I can record when you go low. Ballin' on them niggas so that long, the matter I ain't go.
Hello, everybody.
What's up?
Yo.
What
Look,
up, though?
niggas. You got like one look, but niggas at work. Niggas. Uh,
What up, Jared?
niggas.
What it
He white.
do?
Niggas.
I
White.
haven't seen you in a minute. I haven't seen you in a minute, Jared.
Niggas at work. Niggas at work.
How the fuck I make a time for PC? Baby girl, no, I'm shit like a VC. I ain't tryna laugh, kick me. I'm tryna give me a bag of this lean. Wait, my ice on my neck and then free. These niggas pussy as hell, I been peak. I done stabbed me some hundreds, 10 feet. Tryna run this shit fast and 10 speed. Ride around and been taking a Bentley. I'ma go anywhere that she send me. Never seen no one like me like Wemby. I'm a trader, bitch, I'm having plenty. I'm a trader just made with your Ricky. Better bring your ass home to the win team.
Hey, I just vibe out real quick, man. Let everybody hop on this motherfucker, man. Just vibe. We're gonna turn up in a second, man. That's 201. Give about like 205. Hop on this bitch, man. Just vibe, enjoy your time. Watch these gold profits go crazy. We'll turn up in a second, man. Just mac and cheese, man. Listen to
What
this
up, brother?
motherfucking album.
Oh, gang. What's up, gang?
What up?
I can't go back broke, been there, done that. Selling candy in school, nigga, I been getting that pay since I was a road rat. Trying to fit in with all these niggas, I find I quit that I was above that. Know the game gon' come with losses sometimes, but bitch, I love that. Better tighten up for you fighting for your life like Mortal Kombat, Too much money, I stay around.
Song out, bro?
I got locked up in Atlanta when
Well,
I came home.
hold on. Well, everybody,
it's okay when I plot the straight, I be back up on the highway.
Nigga said, this nigga done said, what up, 4 times. Nigga, I done said, hold on, 4 times.
Me up a 5-star in a cold place, nigga. When I drive, don't cut me off in traffic. I get road rage, nigga. Especially when I'm driving something you can't afford in the first place, nigga. Every day I'm getting to that cake like it's my birthday, nigga. That's on God, I do it better than you on my worst day, nigga.
The song is out, the whole album out. The whole album's out now, the whole album's out.
Yeah, that shit hard. No skips.
No skips.
No skips.
A lot of niggas trying to dim my light, but my shit shine too bright.
Shine too bright.
Everywhere I go, I don't see a line of sight. I done seen too many niggas lose their life, still trying to find a life. I've been trying to find my way right back home, but I can't go to the crib. It's too many opportunities calling, I gotta get it for what it is. You ain't see the choices that I had, don't judge the way I live. All the fucking love that I had, the niggas still stab my ribs. I don't got no kids, but I put this shit on my unborn kids. I'm doing shit like biz, I don't got ribs, and I still take your bitch. 50K a month, and that shit slight, this shit don't make no sense. Damn. Swear to God, this shit don't make no sense.
Come on, gold. Who's in gold, man? Who's in the gold box?
Man, gold West, man.
Me.
Got in too early.
I didn't see it.
Got in too early.
I mean,
I was liquidity.
It'd be like that.
Analysis was A1. Got in too early. I was liquidity. Yeah, it's cool.
Players fuck up.
Yeah, for sure. Account ain't blown. Live to trade another day. Feel me? So.
Go. I'm in this bitch with the traders, man. The real shit poppin'. Now the fuck we coming, nigga. Pocket be full of these blue Bitch, I get money, I do. Everything on me be new. Bitch, I get money, I do. Know you can tell by the view. Bitch, I get money, I do. Look how I put on my crew. Bitch, I get money, I do.
Y'all go share this link with y'all fellow traders, man. Everybody in the Discord, y'all go flood the chat. Let everybody know we OTC, man. We on the call. Man, if you in this bitch from the free chat, man, go share this shit with your fellow traders, man. Let everybody finna get this tape, man. Go flood the chat.
Me and the paper, we go together. I call the money my boo. I keep my circle smaller than nipples. Only can fuck with a few. Call up my broker. I need my profits. Sending that money right through. Smoking
is out it. I call it Pepper Let's Kill. Hey Tracy, look.
No, I ain't crazy, but I think both of my pockets are
Show you
lost.
some Pepe Le Pew.
2500 in my shoe. I'm on a plane in Peru. I make it do what it do. I'm finna bum me a move. Bitch, I'm a trader. I get too much paper. Don't know what it do.
Her ass in the motherfucking goddamn
I'm
garden.
at work, nigga. I'm at work.
I need some of that right now.
There ain't no way I can live by the rules as long as I'm having a nigga, I'm smooth.
That's that permanent cherries.
Bitch, I get money, I do. Everything on me
That
be
really
new.
good.
Bitch, I get money, I do. Know you can tell by the view.
Might get off work right now.
Look how I put on my crew. Bitch, I get money, I do.
I get ready, unmute y'all mics now. I'm finna get some content real quick. Turn y'all cameras on, man. Y'all know what time it is. My camera's on. Let me see y'all faces real quick. Come on with it. Y'all know what time it is, man. Black Wall Street in the building and TP1 finna smack. Get ready, unmute your mics after the song go off, man.
Bitch, I get money, I do.
Baddies, put this in a new baddie chat.
Hey, I'm up in here from the old one.
I'll be in the office. Let's go.
Hold up with it.
Bitch, I get money, I do.
Stop sharing my screen real quick. Hold up. What the fuck poppin', nigga? I say, yeah. Black Wall Street's in the motherfucking building, man. Look at all these motherfucking faces, man. We at it again. You know what I mean? Monday, everybody live at work. You see what I'm saying? No matter where the fuck niggas at, niggas is live and niggas is tapped the fuck in. You dig what I'm saying? Look at all these motherfucking beautiful faces, man. Old, young, white, black, yellow, green. It don't matter who the fuck you is. Big S go boom, go put you in position to make
Puerto
that tape.
Ricans.
You know what I'm saying?
Come on, bro.
Got Puerto Ricans in the building too. Shout out.
Shout out Puerto
You know what I'm
Rico.
saying? Puerto Ricans in the building too, man. Y'all know the routine. We run this motherfucker every single week for free 99, man. If y'all want to get on these calls, make sure you're following, make sure you're all these chats. We're gonna get you paid every single week for free, nigga. Let's get it.
Facts.
What's up with y'all niggas? Boy, talk to me. What's going on, man? How y'all feeling?
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the chat.
Happy belated Mother's Day to all the mothers in the chat.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
Without them, we wouldn't exist.
But we gotta
I had
say
a
thank
blessed
you to
motherfucking
Esco
weekend.
mom.
Hey, Esco, your boy finna graduate, bro.
Who you?
Yeah, bro, I'm
Congrats.
out there,
Wait,
bro.
congratulations, my nigga. You graduate right now?
Yeah, May 17th, I'm out at Morehouse, bro.
Where that's
Congrats.
at?
Congratulations,
Congratulations, my boy.
That's dope.
Congratulations.
Where's Morehouse?
Atlanta.
Oh, pick a bottle. Pick a
I
bottle.
That's in
got one
Atlanta?
more semester
Yeah.
in school and then I graduate.
Send me the shit.
All right, I'm gonna send it to you,
You
bro.
said what day is it?
May 17th. I'm graduating as a software
That'd be
engineer at
fire.
Morehouse.
That'd be fire if Tracy show up, yo. That'd be crazy.
Send me the shit.
That's gonna be the day
That'd
after
be
the
crazy.
mastermind.
Send me the
Tracy
shit.
know he my boy, man.
Yeah,
That's what's
that's
up.
gang in real life. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. That gang
Hey,
in real
That's
life.
what's
congrats,
up.
bro.
I love that
No,
support.
Yeah,
Appreciate
yeah,
y'all,
no.
man. Appreciate y'all.
Yeah, for sure.
Make sure you
School
DM
ain't
me or text
easy.
me the
That
goddamn.
shit is not
Make sure you
easy.
DM me or text me the motherfucking information. I'll pop up.
I
I'll
got you.
be at the
Appreciate you, brother.
mastermind.
Already, my nigga.
Got my ticket.
Who's coming to fuck with me on Saturday in Charlotte, nigga?
Out there, me and
Yo,
Niecy pulling up.
I
I'm pulling
looked up
up.
those tickets.
I'm in there. I
Yo, those
live here.
tickets is crazy. Yo, Tracy, them tickets is too crazy from New York right now at this last minute.
Hey man. Hey, listen, man. Hey, TP1 smack. Blah! Oh shit!
What's up?
Oh! How can he feel me blue? Bitch, I get money. I do.
I do.
I do. I do.
I do.
I do.
I do. We do.
Do, bitch, I get money. I do.
I'm up a good 2
Oh,
racks
All
yeah.
of
on
my
Monday
broker sending that
morning.
money right through.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, let me update my chats. Let me update my chats, man. Free single chat, niggas. Y'all know what y'all better flood me with profits right now. Y'all ain't getting nothing else, no work, none ever. Oh
Uh-oh. I
god,
make
flood me with the profits right now, nigga.
use my profits to get
TP1.
some more profits.
Come on with it. Come on with it. All right, y'all know the routine, man. I ain't gonna waste y'all time today, man. Give me a one in the chat. It's your first time being on the call, Big Esco Boomer, man. You your first time goddamn rocking out with me and my squad. You ain't never seen a young nigga before. You done found me on the gram. It's your first time being on the call with me, man. Dropping one in the chat real quick. Let me see who we looking
Yeah,
at.
yeah, man. My first time tapping in with this man, man. I seen him
Hey, welcome.
with the Slayers boys. I'm like, these niggas is doing it, man. If you're not tapping in, you crazy. You gotta tap in, man.
Tap in, you hear me? It's too much
And
money
learn
on the
this
line.
Oh,
shit.
shit.
Too much
Mm-hmm.
Word
fucking
of
money, you
God.
hear me?
Look at all the ones,
Word
bruh.
up. Look at all the ones, bro.
Hey, welcome, newbies.
Damn.
That's hard.
Look at all the ones. That was up. That was up. Hey, look, well, shout out to y'all, man. I appreciate y'all hopping on the motherfucking call. Gang say first time, man, out here in LA. Let me get where you're from in the chat, man. In the chat. Where you from? Where you tapping in from? Let me see where we at in this motherfucker, man. Where we at? Where we at? I got Jersey in the building, Louisiana in the building, Tampa, Seattle, Germany, Raleigh was popping. Oh,
Raleigh.
gang. Raleigh was popping. Bolivar, Chicago, Florida, North Carolina, Austin, Texas, Orlando, DMV, Chicago, Maryland, New Orleans, another Raleigh member. All y'all Raleigh niggas, boy. If I ain't see you at the motherfucking shit lab, I got them album release party. I better see you this weekend. I'm trying to tell you. Bama, Arizona, Atlanta, the H, Memphis, Philly, Memphis, San Diego, UK in the building, Cali in the building, Miami in the building, Trinidad in the building. What's pop? Book,
That's hard.
book, the book. No,
Somebody said
got
China,
blood
bro.
clot Jimmy ones. Huh?
Somebody
Let
said,
me pull out my motherfucking
Yeah.
Jamaican
Nah,
shit.
though, guys know what I say,
Your
though.
man
We
said
from we
China,
from
yo.
Trinidad,
nigga
bro.
said
No tongue
China
China,
is
left, man.
bro. That's
hard.
hard.
China
That's
is
hard,
China
bro.
is
hard.
hard.
China.
China is
China
Damn.
is
hard.
hard. This shit is
Saint Lucia.
worldwide. This shit
International
worldwide, man.
Totally,
Esco.
totally different time frame.
Right.
Totally different time frame. They send us out
International
on this
Esco,
call to
bro.
tap in with us,
Nah,
bro.
well,
This
It's
shit,
it.
me,
this,
how we
this
from
shit getting
Trinidad, me
crazy,
see it,
bro.
me
This shit
and
crazy.
we
I ain't gonna
2
lie.
p.m. normal.
But look, but this shit I ain't gonna lie, this shit ain't nothing new no more, bro. Every single motherfucking time we run the call, bro, we get brand new people from all across the motherfucking world. I appreciate y'all taking y'all time out throughout the day to tap in with a young nigga, get some of this free sauce, man. I know we do this shit every single week, so make sure you tapped in if you're not already tapped in to get this free sauce, get this free signal, get this money. Give y'all a quick little introduction of who the fuck I am, real quick on for all my goddamn brand new people. Then we're gonna get the shit started. All right, y'all been on the call every single week. Y'all know the story by now. Y'all should be able to tell the story for me. Come on, gang. All right. But they get to it real quick. All right, Tracy Esco Jr. That my name. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Durham, North Carolina. I now live in Raleigh, North Carolina. I've been trading since 2019. Prior to trading, I was in prison for 2 years. I'm pretty sure all y'all seen my story yesterday and shit. Nigga was ugly. Said somebody said I look like TK. No, gang, chill out. But you know what I mean? Uh Bro, I was in prison for 2 years. I'm a habitual felon. You know what I mean? So I got a real little broad background of doing stupid shit. Long story on how I went to prison. I'll tell y'all later if you want to know it. But I went to prison for 2 years, get snitched on by my best motherfucking friend. You know what I mean? That was my motherfucking never do this shit again point right there. You know what I mean? So I
God
came home
damn.
from prison.
Mm-hmm.
Came home from prison, got slapped to work. You dig what I'm saying? I was working McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut, and construction, roofing, anything you can name up. I was doing it, donating plasma, everything. You dig what I'm saying? Started trading. One of my best friends that I grew up with from back in the day introduced me to that IML shit, just like majority of people on the call. You know what I mean? Got introduced by IML. Um, Stayed in that bitch for about goddamn 6 months and left. But it introduced me to trading as all of us did. You know what I'm saying? Without IML, half of us wouldn't even fucking be here. You know what I mean? So if you're still trading to this day and you started off
That's a
on IML,
whole
that
fact.
means you on game. If you still trading to this day and you was a part of IML, that means you seen the longevity and what the fuck you was in front of. You ain't fall for the cap. You ain't fall for the motherfucking goddamn. You dig what I'm saying? You ain't fall for the recruit diggity doot. You know what I'm saying? You came in this bitch trying to goddamn learn how to get to this goddamn money. You know what I mean? Half of them motherfuckers is already gone. You dig what I'm saying? So majority of niggas gone. So the fact y'all still here says a lot about y'all. I mean, but I stayed around. I didn't make not a dime for 3.5 years. I was making money and giving it back on some goddamn like just trying to flip 100 to a million type time. It never fucking worked. I would never withdraw the pay. And then out of nowhere I came across the shit that I know today. I was in a big ass group chat, bro, and somebody slid across my desk smart money concepts. That's what I know today. That's what I study. Shit changed my motherfucking life because it gave me an explanation as to why I was fucking up. A lot of y'all strategies, y'all know how to win, but y'all don't know why y'all lose. And that's a big motherfucking thing, knowing why you lose a trade. If you know why you lose, you know how to not make that mistake again. Smart money taught me everything I needed to know with that. I studied that shit for 3 months. Demo account, back testing and live testing, you know what I mean? Starting to see a little bit of consistency in my demo account. $17, had it. It was $17 on Friday. It was fucking 17,000 on Sunday. Over leveraging like a motherfucker, flipping crypto sales like a motherfucker. Withdrew that paper. That was my big goddamn turning point in my trading career. Since then, I'm not a nigga that can keep my mouth closed when it comes to information and making money because I got the similar background on all y'all niggas. So as soon as I made that 17,000, I immediately got to teaching. You see what I'm saying? That was back in what, 2022, 2023. You know what I mean? Ever since then, you see what the fuck you see today. As far as me and my personal growth, last year I had my biggest trading year ever, made about 600,000 last year. That's what's up, you know what I mean? But more importantly, when it comes to me and my goddamn students, you know what I mean, which I pride myself more than just me being able to make pay. Nigga, we got a lot of 7-figure motherfucking mentees over this bitch, a lot of 6-figure mentees. 5 and 4, we do that shit like the back of our hand every day throughout signals alone. So this goes to show I've been able to put people in position to make more money than me, and that's my biggest motherfucking flex. You know what I mean? Is I can come in this bitch, break this shit down to nigga terms and get the next nigga paid. All y'all gotta do is tap the fuck in. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, I'm gonna shut the fuck up. I'm letting my work do the talking before I slide to these charts. Do y'all have any questions on anything I said? Y'all got any questions on me personally? Anything like that before I get started?
Somebody in the chat said was IML, but for whomever don't know.
What's IML, man? Listen, man. Long fucking story. Long
Let's
story.
not go there, please.
Yeah,
True. It could briefly it was a shitty ass group.
Right,
It was
they just don't know.
what it was a networking trading MLM scheme, but instead of actually teaching you to trade, it was just what it was. It was an affiliate marketing.
Yeah, it was IML was a network marketing company, and their main motherfucking thing to suck people in to join the company was teaching people how to day trade. So they went and got a whole bunch of motherfucking gurus and shit that was acting like they was making millions of dollars out of trading, and they would get you to come in and be like, "Hey, nigga, you can make this money overnight." Like they was making the shit seem 10 times easier than what the fuck it was. You know what I'm saying? They'll get everybody to join this big ass company, and then when you join the company, you think you come in this bitch to learn how to trade, and you really in a group full of people that's just recruiting this shit instead of actually learning how to trade. So it's a big ass pyramid scheme. It was a big ass pyramid scheme full of goddamn, but the main suck in, you know what I mean? The main motherfucking thing that they attracted people with was day trading. So if you joined the goddamn company, you seen what the fuck day trading was, but you know what I mean? Most motherfuckers thought that recruiting was 10 times easier to learn how to trade. So they ran with recruiting. I ran with trading. I was the only P150. And the reason why I couldn't recruit, I tried recruiting, but the reason why it didn't work is bitch, I was still broke. How the fuck I'm gonna tell a nigga I can get you rich and bitch you still living in your car and everybody know who the fuck I am? You know, game, like, nigga, you feel what I'm saying? Like, you go, I can get you rich, but bitch, you broke as hell, nigga. Like, it should only make no motherfucking sense. So I had to goddamn get rich.
Funny thing is, the person one of the people who had me in that, I had ended up meeting one of my people in person. And so, you know.
But where the hell are you from?
I'm from Trinidad, one sir.
Trinidad, boy.
You said well?
From Trinidad, one sir.
Trinidad. All right, keep it.
That's hard. That's hard.
Yeah. So one of the people who had me in that, I don't know if you all understand how I'm talking, but I'll go and try to we just talk a little fast. So one of the people who had me into it, I end up seeing this nigga in person, and I end up freaking jacking him up.
His ass because he made you join IML.
Yeah.
You need some subtitles, boy.
You tell him I'm gonna reach on this round.
He said you need some subtitles. Chill.
This nigga said subtitle.
Y'all chill on my man, bro.
So I end up jacking him up. I see him in person. I wanted my money back, telling me I would have reached a certain rank. And when I reach this rank, every fortnight or every month I would have guess so and so amount of money without doing anything. And I ain't get my money. And so I see this nigga in person in the mall. And so
How that nigga wax.
You're gone too
Damn,
far
that's
now.
fucked up. You ain't have to beat him up, bro. He could have.
I work whole month for that money.
Nah, you had to beat him
up. Hey, you know them accounts. Hey, you know niggas are spending like $300-400.
Boy, listen, boy. I was dropping what? Like, how much that shit monthly? Like, goddamn,
it was like
167.
190 something.
Bitch, like, oh,
Yeah, the
dang, boy,
second
I'm paying that
time, the
shit
first
month,
time I
man.
got in 2016, that shit was like $89 a month.
And they upped it.
Yeah,
And
and
they
then
up
I
I
was
wouldn't
well.
mind
trying to
paying. I
support my
wouldn't
little
mind paying that
cousin.
monthly. I wouldn't mind paying that monthly. I was
Nah,
actually making
well,
pay.
from
But I
Trinidad
won't
it
make enough
harder.
money.
From
How they
Trinidad
get you though? They tell
it
you if
harder
you
because
recruit
I
three
had to
people,
pay.
gotta pay
Yeah,
for your
you
membership.
recruit two
Yeah,
people, and then you
exactly,
recruit two. You
exactly.
recruit
Yeah.
That
two
3 and
people. All of
3
a sudden,
shit.
everything free.
For me,
Okay, you get two people. Remember that shit two and done. What that shit called? Two and through.
That's
Ugly ass
considered.
shit.
Then the
Yo, that
motherfucker
shit's
be
gonna
talking about
drop.
trips
That
and
shit's
shit.
gonna drop.
Hmm?
That shit's gonna drop.
What's
not
gonna
right, not
drop?
right now. Not right now.
Gold.
It's not.
Boy, shut the fuck up, boy.
Boy,
Yeah,
chill
bro.
out, boy.
Pull up your
Nah, this big ass
Boy,
gonna
phone.
turn
chill
the wheels
out,
on this
man.
motherfucker now,
Boy,
boy.
sound
Shut the
like you
fuck up,
stuck.
boy.
Boy, sound like you
This
stuck.
big ass gonna turn everybody shut up now. When you get to talking against my goddamn trade, big ass go boom about to come in here and tell me to shut the fuck
It
up.
already hit
You,
TP1, so you're
you,
good.
y'all niggas too. Y'all niggas not special. Get to unmute y'all mics and shit. No, just me right now. Just me right. Niggas think they cool as shit. You don't get to unmute your mic neither, ugly ass nigga. Okay, everybody. Everybody just mac and cheese, man. Now I gotta talk about gold, man. Let me get to these
Straight
charts.
China, bro. Straight China.
Oh my god, you too, man, bro. You too. The only guys. Hold on. All right, let's go. All right, gold, man. All right, so first things first, I call these beautiful motherfucking bars from gold down here at the bottom. We smacked TP1. This might have been. Was this TP2? That may or may not have been TP2. May or may not. Let me see real quick. That may or may not have been TP2 4733. I lied. All right. But still, all right, boom. So why don't I call these goddamn buys, bro? I've been searching for this gold buy since last week. Delete my charts real quick. All right. So as y'all been hearing me say for the last God knows how long, but I believe this gap right here still has to get filled. You see what I'm saying? And I mean it does. You think what I'm saying? So I think that's why, I mean, we seen this little drop off right here, bro. You know what I mean? But as I kept telling y'all, as she was dropping off, bro, that is not like no real bearish momentum because of all the highs she left. And she just dropped off to come get, let me see what she got. She gets something of significance. Was it just liquidity or was it something else? Here's our answer. There's always an answer to the equation. You know what I mean? So if y'all can see right here, matter of fact, I'm gonna shut the fuck up. Pop quiz. Why did the price stop right here?
It was at a 4-hour BPR.
Okay, that's cool. That's another answer I want to hear right here from this daily.
Volume imbalance.
Value imbalance. Retest the whole.
To the yeah.
To the left. Everything you own in the box. You gotta understand that when the motherfucking charts look stupid, it's probably because it's not meant to be though. You know what I mean? The market is very, very motherfucking precise. Can y'all all see what I'm talking about right here? Can y'all all see this? Can y'all understand the significance of this? Let me get ones in the tab. Y'all can see this and y'all can understand the significance of what the fuck this is.
111.
This is very important.
Yeah.
When the candles look stupid, that's because they're stupid. Like, I don't know how else to explain that, but I'm explaining what it is. So pay attention. You dig what I'm saying?
It's not gonna hurt it.
Mute. Pay attention. All right. So boom. You see how y'all understand candlestick analogy, and we all understand that where the previous candlestick closed at, that's where the next candlestick opens at. We all understand that law. Give me twos. That's basic Forex 101. Where the candlestick closed at, the next candlestick opens at. Y'all understand that, right? Twos. So when I look over here to the goddamn left, and I see that we got this candlestick closed here, the next candlestick open there, and then that bearish candle, that doji candle closed here, then the next one open here. There's spaces in between where they're closing and where they're opening at. Do y'all see what I'm talking about? That is a gap. You understand that doesn't happen with every single candlestick, does it? So when it happens, it's a problem. Long game. That's a gap. Y'all smelling what I'm selling. Give me threes. Y'all smelling what I'm selling. Three. For sure that. It's 235 people on here. Don't play with me today. Threes in the chat. This making sense, or am I talking to myself in this motherfucker? We'll show that. 235 people on a fucking Sunday at 2:23 p.m. is absolutely insane. By the way, I just want that to be known. That's absolutely insane.
Today
Monday.
Monday, nigga.
Today
Monday.
Monday, twin.
For month,
You
that's
tripping
even
all day, boy.
fucking
You don't even know
worse.
what day of the
That's
week
even
it
That's
is,
how.
even
bitch.
worse.
That's how.
real,
That's how we
that's
can tell how
crazy.
rich you
That's
are.
even
That's
worse.
crazy.
Hey,
That's even worse.
man, it's
234.
Monday.
Everybody
It's
who answered
Monday.
got a 9 to
Bomba
5,
clock.
bitch.
Bumble clock. You know what I'm saying? All right, bow. So that's why we had this bearish momentum that we had. I was trying to figure this shit out the whole fucking time. Like, bro, why the fuck is gold dropping the way it's dropping? And this bitch ain't goddamn filling this motherfucking gap up here. It's up on the daily and it's right here on the 4 hour. I mean, we already identified on the 4 hour, my bad, but it's right here on the daily as well. You know what I'm saying? So this gap has to get filled, bro. It has to. You know what I'm saying? So when I seen this shit, I'm like, all right, nigga, like, once again, why is this shit selling off in the way that it's selling? Then I figured out the answer why. Value balance. Bet. And then you see how she came down to this motherfucker and she double bottomed out. You know what I mean? Picture perfect, run on stops. Okay, so she stopped short of that goddamn 50% the first time. What's my picture perfect word for that? What's my favorite word? What my word?
Inducement.
Inducement. Okay, so she stopped
Hey,
short.
bro, what's a double bottom?
When I be saying, I said I ain't. I double
That's
bottom
a rookie question.
is equal lows, but nigga.
Well,
I say,
I'm new, bro. I'm still
no,
learning.
the
I'm
fuck,
asking because I don't know.
You
I
ain't
am
new.
still
I'll
learning,
take it
bro.
back.
You
I'll
ain't
take it
new.
back. I'll take it back.
Nigga,
I'll
I've been
take it
trading
back.
for 10 months. That's
I'll
still
take it back.
That
I'll
ain't
take it
new.
back.
Fuck out of here.
Jared, why is you yelling?
Nah, that ain't you, nigga.
Cause niggas trying to tell me my question dumb. Period, Jerry. Niggas trying to
You
tell me
It's
my
dumb.
question dumb.
It
I'm
is.
still new. I'm
You
still new.
not
All
new.
right, all right, all
Yeah,
right.
Go to
but
bed,
you
Pip
got a
Anyway,
Daddy.
promise to get
what's a
Tracy.
You ain't.
All right. Like I got to step in again because he don't know when to shut the fuck up. All right, the answer to the question is a double bottom is equal lows. You know what I mean? It's equal lows. But you hear me say W. I'm not saying double bottom. I'm saying W. When I say W, I mean she done ran stops like that right there. Same thing I teach you. You know what I mean? But a double bottom is nothing but equal lows. Double bottom, triple bottom, double top, triple top. Those are equal highs and equal lows. Is all we talking about. All right.
I say less. Fuck y'all niggas.
Fuck you, nigga. You ain't new.
Jer on that Tupac shit today.
Yo.
Jer pop.
Yeah, Jer pop shit. She did. You know what I mean? But now y'all know don't fuck with Jer. All right. Anywho. All right. Boom. So y'all see how she came through this motherfucker and she double bottomed out. I keep saying double bottom. Double U'd out. You know what I mean? So low, retrace me. You see this bearish fair value gap that's right here. You know what I mean? So you see this bearish gap that's right here. See how price respected the gap. From there, came back down to go hit that 50% whopping and broke on top of that bitch. Perfect. Mwah. So that's a breaker structure bullish on the higher time frame. Now I'm more or less 100% confident that we're gonna bring our ass back up there. Because fuck else is we gonna stop that for? You see what I'm saying? So I'm like super duper confident that we get all the way up here now. So I low key want to hold the buys that we in, but the only thing that keeps me scared on that is the fact that we did induce the 50. We did induce a 50, which means that we may or may not come back one more time to come and smack this today's low. But we'll worry about that if and when that motherfucker happens. For now, I'll tell y'all why I called this motherfucking buy. All right. So I was looking for the retest of this gap. You see what I'm saying? And although she stopped short of the 50, it's something I had seen on lower time frame that made me get up in this bitch. All right, it was a liquidity sweep. And then the break of yesterday, the new week opening gap. That's what made me buy early, even though she stopped short of this goddamn 50. It's the break of the new week opening gap. So pay attention to price. Y'all see this low right here? Boom, y'all see this low right here? See how yesterday on the open we had gap down, right? So yesterday on the open we had gap down, something nasty. You know what I mean? And once I seen that, I was like, more or less, all right, we have to come down here and get this gap. That's what I was thinking the second that we gap down. Like, all right, boom, we got to come down here and get the gap. And then I seen news this weekend that Trump ceased. We came to a ceasefire for 3 days. Didn't we see that news? You know what I mean? When we came, it was like Friday or something. It was Friday, and I was like, yeah, it was like when we came to a ceasefire. When the second I seen that, I was like, gold should go up this week. Because, every single time we stop warring about motherfucking oil, the shit goes up. Every single time we start worrying about oil again, the shit goes the fuck down, the oil goes up. So I was already thinking off the flat the second I seen that news. That's a little bit of fundamental analysis that goes with it. Like, all right, boom, we should go up this week. You see what I'm saying? Now, when we gap down, I knew we was going to come down here and get this gap. And although I was waiting for that 50 watt to get hit, which is this white line right here, I couldn't ignore the fact that price had broke on top, which means ran a stop right here. So she now ain't got this low. And then she broke on top of the new week opening gap, which is just as important as any other fair value gap. You understand? So she broke on top of that new week opening gap. You see what I'm saying? Once I seen that, it's like, all right, we got to buy the retest. We have to. You see what I'm saying? We have to. We got to see what the fuck she talking about. All right. So I told you guys to buy the pullback. You know what I mean? But I didn't just buy it right here. Why? Because similar to down here, she stopped short of 50. All right. So I didn't just call the buy once she got down here. I waited for the lower time frame breaker structure. So I just waited for price to break on top of these bearish gaps right here. All right. And essentially considering the fact she had ran a swing low. So this is like where the 1 minute setup came from. This low right here getting ran. Boom. And then I was just waiting to see would she break structure. Could she close on top of this bearish gap right here? Second she did, called the buy on the retest for y'all niggas. You dig what I'm saying? SL below the motherfucking low down here. Bow. TP1 got smashed at these highs right here. Nigga glow. And TP2 on the way. Nigga glow. You know what I mean? And I'm still holding this bitch, nigga. Fucking stacking that nigga talking about. Give me ones in the chat if it make sense. You know what I mean?
111.
111. 111.
111.
1-1.
One.
Grrr. And I mean 241 on this bitch, man. I should see 241 ones. I should. He said big ass stop loss, big ass reward, stanking that nigga. Anytime.
Get him.
Fuck wrong with dude. Fuck wrong with dude. Fuck wrong with dude.
Damn, bro, why you on my ass like that, bro? It was a joke.
Oh,
Get that bitch
Damn.
out of
It sound like
here.
a joke.
Don't come on here, Joe.
Just because
Don't come on
the
here, Joe.
stop loss
You
break
need
that
to
level
leave.
means you
Don't
flipping
got
this.
Don't
I'm just yeah, come.
come on here, Joker.
That's
Don't
how
come
you
on here,
get
Joker.
Don't
flamed.
get your ass
That's how you
fried
get
on,
blamed
boy.
down on this bitch. Well, you should know that by now.
You going
Niggas done been
zone
on
on
my
your ass,
call
nigga.
too much. Niggas been on my call too much to know, but you can't be soft coming on
Good
this bitch,
shit.
boy.
Welcome to the cookout, fuck nigga.
Welcome to the cookout, fuck nigga. Nigga get flamed up in this bitch, boy. I'm telling you. Don't come on here soft. Okay, you gonna leave with your feelings hurt and no pay, ugly ass nigga. No, so. All right, next chart. Now let's go over why I called Nas Boss. Who took Nas Boss with me last night? Bussin'.
I did.
I
Me.
missed my entry, so I got the
Me.
mental win.
I missed that too, yo.
Yo,
But
Bussin'.
those buys gave me my Asia sells, so I'll say thank you.
Bro, this bitch went, but look how far it went.
And it was
Like,
clean.
that's how far
Clean.
it went. You see how far that bitch went? That bitch, nigga, what? Nigga, that bitch still
Went
going right
crazy.
now. I missed this
Nigga,
buy
them
this
buys
morning.
was fire.
I missed the buys this morning. I was gonna call the buys for you guys.
I
right
wish
here.
I wish I was following you 2
Damn,
What
years
about
ago.
my phone?
I was gonna
I'm
call
in
the
NASDAQ.
buys
I'm
for you
holding
guys right
lines.
here, but I missed that motherfucker. I swear to God, I was gonna call the buys for you guys right here because I'm telling y'all my strategy so nasty. Run on stops, breaking structure gap every single time. Draw on my screen one more time. Draw on my screen one more time. Draw on my screen one more time.
Y'all stop playing.
Y'all crazy today.
See if you don't get the fuck up out of here.
Ain't no reason
See
to
if
be
you don't get the fuck
scared.
up out of here. Hey, you talking about? All right. So let's come on down here to the open. Okay, where do we open up? Because Big S Go Boomer called goodbyes. All right, so we opened up over here. Where we at? And let me make sure I'm not saying no. This is the buy right here. This is the buy. Okay, boom. All right, so our buy from last night came from the same shit I always say, bro. Nas, I had seen a reel the other day that asked like, this nigga that was mad as hell, like, bro, how the fuck do you trade new all-time highs? And I'm gonna respond to that shit too, and I'm gonna give niggas some sauce. But it's fairly simple. You know what I'm saying? You buy until you can't no more. See how easy that is? No, man, you buy until your motherfucking can't no more, and then you keep on buying till that bitch stop flying. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So every single time the quarter gets swept, we on prices ass. Last night off the open, you know what I'm saying? The bitch gapped down just like how gold did. But nigga, Nas is overly bullish, nigga. I'm looking at that. Run on stops right here, liquidate this low. Ended up breaking right back on top of this bearish gap, which was our new week opening gap. You know what I'm saying? This is how price gap down off the open. So run on stops right here. Broke structure bullish by closing on top of that fair value gap. Big S Go Boomer called that by right the fuck there. All TP smash right there. And then the bitches came down a little bit lower inside the same gap and then took the fuck off from there. So if you would have held that trade, you would have been green without your SL getting hit. You know what I mean? But that was our buy. Bought this motherfucker right here. Run on stops, break a structure, gap fill, enter that 50 watt, took it back up to new all-time highs, nigga, all TP smash. Easy money. You see how simple this is to understand? Is it simple to understand? Give me twos.
Man, people
Two,
ain't
two,
need, so
two.
somebody got to do it.
Two.
Deuce.
Dos.
No, so everybody's being profit off the flap this week. We talking about 2-0. It's only Monday. We done called well over 1,000 pips to start the motherfucking week, nigga. It's only Monday. Between Nas hitting new all-time highs and gold sitting where it's at now, well over 1,000 pips in 24 hours. And that's how the fuck we get down over this bitch. And y'all should have made slap bankroll with me last week, cause I was on demon time last week. Y'all made money with me. Y'all made money last week too. Who withdrew last week?
It's my first week.
It's your first week. Shout out to the first week, niggas. You should already be.
I did.
Who withdrew last
And I
week?
missed both trades.
So what you don't mark out your breaker structures or nothing, or like market shifts?
I don't got to. I can see it.
Hey,
Yo, bro.
Niggas too experienced for that.
I do that for y'all. I don't gotta do that no more.
Hey, yo, bro, if you don't mind, you'll run that back to me. That shit was like Chinese when you just ran through. This is my first week on this.
Boy, I ain't saying that whole analysis again, boy. I'll break down some more charts though. I ain't saying the whole analysis again. That was a lot, boy. Gold busting off the flap again. And y'all, this is live stream and recorded. Remember, we on YouTube live right now as we speak. Let me check this motherfucker, by the way. So y'all can always go back and watch these recordings. Y'all can always go back and watch these recordings. We got 16 on YouTube live right now. So remember, y'all, you know what I mean? Every single recording that we do, this bitch on finna smack TP3. Every single motherfucking live stream that we do on the free calls is live streamed on my YouTube channel. So make sure y'all subscribe to Certified Snipers Trading YouTube channel and watch all these shits. We've been live streaming since November. I mean, that. All right, so now we got to talk. Now that we went over the signals, we got to talk about what's the analysis for the week. You know what I'm saying? So back at gold, and obviously I told you guys earlier that I plan on holding these buys, especially if that bitch don't want to come back down there and get that 50. You know what I mean? So I'm holding as long as I possibly can. Nigga, I'm up what? I ain't up nothing too crazy. I'm up like $600. You know what I mean? But I got entries all in here, bro. I got like fucking 50 cent down here. I had popped some on this pullback right here too, and I had TP to that high, but I left some entries running, so I got entries all up in this motherfucker. So if she go smack that TP, that's an easy like 3,500, and I'm gonna take that bitch. You know what I'm saying? But once again, as far as where I think this bitch gonna go, these highs right here, they're gonna have to get clean, bro. They're gonna have to. It's just very, very funny to me how she's leaving all types of liquidity. All right, all types of liquidity. And all the shit is stopping short of that higher time frame key area I keep telling y'all about. She has to come up here, bro. She has to. It's even an inversion. We ain't got to look all the way up there. Look right up. Look at this inversion right up. Look at that inversion right there. Let me see. All right, I take that back because price already got 50%. I thought she stopped short. I take that back. But it's a lot of buy side liquidity resting on top of price. And once again, I don't see gold doing no swing sale without coming back to get this. The only thing that could possibly send this bitch down one more time is to run yesterday's low. That's the only possible, or today's low. That's the only possible thing that I can see happening besides this bitch just flying up to the moon. And the only reason why I say that is because, once again, I know key areas. This bitch stopped short of this 50% level. And that's very, very important. You see what I'm saying? Let me make sure my math is right. Yeah, she stopped short of that 50. That's very important. So that gives price a reason to eventually come downhill one more time and got them grab that motherfucker. You know what I mean? Obviously, we already in the buy. We floating real, real good. But if this bitch decides to got them bring her ass down one more time, we know exactly why. And we're going to take advantage all over again. You see what I'm saying? But as of right now, I'm holding everything, trailing all these stops, man. We're going to see, and we're going to see if she can goddamn really get up to these highs. But this is our target right here by the end of the week. This can get hit very early in the week. But these highs right here are going to get absolutely cleaned. I'm telling you that right now. We're going to smash right through these bitches. And I wouldn't be surprised if we close well on top of them and keep that shit pushing all the way up to that higher time frame gap. You know what I mean? But all the nigga worry about right now is these highs right here. Once I get them highs, nigga, I'm taking off about 80% of my entry. You know what I mean? I'm going to leave some shit running and see if we can really swing. I'm telling y'all right now, aim here. The bitch gonna
What was that 50% liquidity sweep you had down there marked up?
47.05.
What price is that?
I say 47.05.
47.05.
You know what I mean? So if you want to, you can just put a bottom in right there, and just in case price comes back down to that motherfucker, you'll already be ready to go.
Hey, I got a question, gang. You see the little, I guess the fair value you got right there.
everything. But I'm going off the higher time frame gap. So I know I see this down here too. I see this big ass gap, but I want 50% of this because this is a higher time frame. So anything 50% and lower is gonna be fair game for that swing. But she gonna snipe from right there. That bitch gonna snipe right there. Turn the fuck around. If she even decides to pull the fuck back.
Like a premier and discount tool.
I mean, I don't use no tools.
You don't use this shit.
No tools. You should be able to see it. You know what I mean? You see how I haven't drawn up nothing but boxes and lines? That's all a nigga need. I don't need no fib. I don't need no tools. I don't need no indicators. I don't need anything. All you need is candlesticks. All that extra shit is confusion if you ask me. You know what I mean? Like you paying attention to the wrong shit. These candlesticks tell you everything you need to know. Fuck everything else. The only thing I would recommend is the Fibonacci. But even then, I don't even, y'all see me. I don't use no fib. You know what I mean? Fibonacci's are more or less for people that can't necessarily see it, I guess. I can see a 50% retracement. I can see a 618 retracement. Looking at these charts every day for damn near 10 years. That's experience. You know what I
Hey,
mean?
yo, boss.
That's the only motherfucking thing I recommend a nigga looking at. Like, you know what I mean? Like you can use your little fib. Besides that, fuck everything and everything, nigga. I'm telling you. Just get these charts right. That's all you need.
How you set your rectangle up to show you the 50% move?
Draw a box on your chart, hit the settings tab, hit style, and click middle line.
Okay, copy.
You really do be getting the same questions every week.
Lucky I love what the fuck I do. Because any other motherfucker don't got the patience. But I love teaching. I love it. I'm gonna answer the same.
So what time frame to look at it from?
All of them. You see, we started at the higher and made our way down to one.
So start from the day and just go down till you find you a good setup.
Top down analysis.
1 hour and 15 minutes, bro. That's all you need.
You gotta pay attention, bro.
Stop lying to that nigga. Stop lying to that nigga. Well,
No, I don't agree with that.
That nigga got to do a
lying,
top down analysis every time.
You gonna get your ass fried on looking at the 1 hour 15.
Oh God.
Whoever just
Do
said
not listen.
That's the
whoever
same
just said that
thing.
is not making
Go in the
consistent
dump.
pay. I can bet every single dollar I got, he's not making consistent pay. Niggas said 1 hour and 15 alone. I guarantee you're not making consistent money. That's bullshit. You're gonna get your ass fried. That's what retail does. And who wins? Who makes more money? Who y'all think makes more money?
Smart
Retail
money.
traders like let me know. Retail traders or banks? Who makes more money?
Banks.
Banks, right?
Banks.
Okay.
Smart
Now,
money.
do you think that with trillions and billions and millions of dollars circulating through this market, you think they scalpers like us?
Absolutely not. Hell no.
Absolutely the fuck not.
Hell no.
And that's why the
They
lower
put-
time frame is so manipulative, nigga, because you get your ass fried. And the algorithm knows that it's where all of y'all at. So you're gonna get your ass fried. That's why the higher time frame is where you need to be at. It don't mean
Hey,
hold trades
I got one
month.
more dumbass question.
What?
You like when you first tried out, do you like know about fractal like market ships and fractal lows and shit?
Yeah, a little bit.
Is that shit like really necessary to mark out?
Y'all see how I mark the charts. Anything you're
No,
asking me
I'm
on
saying
top
like
of what I did.
I'm talking about it like a beginner, like shit.
Hell
I'm talking
no.
about
Just get the course.
No, I don't believe none of that extra shit is necessary. I believe that all you need is liquidity and gas.
Just do what the fuck you
I keep
doing.
telling y'all that shit. Y'all keep asking me questions outside of what I'm teaching. What I'm
I
teaching.
think they ask, bro, because they feel like it's too simple. But that's the thing y'all got to understand with Tracy.
Yeah,
like,
it
it is that simple. It really is.
What's a
Gang, but
BPR,
all that extra over hard ass shit, bro, is not necessary, my nigga. I'm telling
Nick,
you.
not only,
Understand where
don't bring that
niggas
other
stop
lingo up
losses
there.
at, and understand about these fair value gaps, and you gonna know everything you need to know. I'm telling you.
It's about
All that extra overcomplicated ass shit, bro, you do not need. That's why I don't nobody make no money. They make it hard for us, nigga.
So
It's not that hard.
what about supply and demand then?
Dead. They ain't nothing but advanced support resistance. Who's making money off supply and demand? Not you. That's why you're on this call. Not a motherfucking knock. I'm just being gangster. That shit ain't nothing but advanced support and resistance. Shit is dead. Every single goddamn strategy you can think of, name it, nigga. It's nothing but either support, resistance, trend lines, or some type of indicator. But you can make it fancy and name it whatever the fuck you want to name it. Supply and demand is that shit not support and resistance? Tell me I'm lying.
That ain't shit.
It literally is. You know what I mean? So like it's just like all that shit dead if you ask me, nigga. Supply and demand is another word to find liquidity if you ask me. If I see a supply or demand level, I know where everybody else trading at. So I know where everybody else's stop loss is at. I'm gonna wait for that supply level to get hit. And then I'm gonna get in. I do the complete opposite of any strategy you can think of. I'm gonna do the opposite. I'm telling you. That's why I wait for lows to get ran, and then I enter, cause niggas buy at lows. So anybody that bought right there got stopped out. Then I enter. And that's how you play the game. You know what I mean? So once again, anything, any strategy you can think of, if I didn't say it right here, I do not use it. I don't care for it. Cause in all actuality, I'm not being rude or nothing, but I'm just telling y'all, I'm trying to put the shit in y'all head how easy this market can actually be if you dumb it the fuck down to its core. You see what I'm saying? And its core, to me, is nothing but liquidity and gaps. You feel me? So as I continue,
Don't overcomplicate that shit.
Hell no,
don't
don't
overcomplicate it.
overcomplicate it. It's water.
Don't overcomplicate it. It's very much simple. Y'all gonna see as I keep marking up these charts. I got a couple more to go. But once again, y'all gonna see exact. I'm giving y'all all the free niggas. I'm giving y'all so much sauce for free. I just want y'all to understand that. Because I'm doing a whole top down. I'm giving y'all my whole motherfucking thought process. So I really hope y'all are paying attention. Take advantage and ask questions if you need to. But once again, everything that I say on this call, I ain't holding nothing back for real. It's only one thing.
Hey, look,
sure.
I got a question. So when it come back up like from the box, right? How you know which way to trade?
What you mean?
Like you see how like where is it right now? You know how it came back up and then it went back down. So what you really just wait for like a breakout from?
I'm just waiting to see what price does.
That's just a retest.
It's a retest, but I'm not paying attention to this move for real. Like, cause TP's already got smacked. I know we at from a higher time frame perspective. So you see how we're hitting bearish areas. That gives price a reason to come down. You see what I'm saying? So everything that's happening right now is fair game with price, but we're in down here. So I don't necessarily care about what's going on right now. You see what I'm saying? I'm still trying to see if we're gonna break all this shit. Once we clear all this shit right here, that's murder she wrote. That bitch gone. She got a couple more pips before we can really like say that this bitch gonna swing uphill. But yeah, I don't care about what's going on right here. It just ain't nothing but a retest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, all right, let me finish marking on these charts. All right, so let's go. We all get gold. We did gold. We did Nas. Let's go, GJ.
Hey, you don't you don't trade SPX?
Trade Nas. GJ told y'all 5. I've been telling y'all since fucking what? How many months I've been telling y'all now to buy GJ until it gets up here? And you see this bitch just won't stop buying, will it? You see what I'm saying? Because it has to get up here. You want to know why it wants to get up here? Scroll to the left. Keep telling y'all gaps, liquidity. Fuck everything the fuck else. Y'all see this big ass gap right here? We look at it every week. Every week.
Inducement.
Right here. Inducement at its finest. She needs to get at least 50% of this gap. That's why I was going to keep buying. That's why it's been buying since all the way the fuck down here. Not because no supply level or demand level, wherever the fuck is all the way down here, or wherever the fuck else you want to goddamn think of. Price has to come filling this motherfucking gap. Imbalances in the market, they have to get filled by law. You understand? So with that being said, that's why it's gonna keep fucking floating. There was a bullish FVG right here. Price pulled down, hit this motherfucker on the money, and keep that shit pushing. So it's letting you know that price is still bullish because every single time she pulls down, it's either a liquidity sweep or it's respecting bearish shit, and then it keeps fucking going. I mean, it's respecting bullish shit and it keeps going. So the shit's gonna keep on buying until it gets up there. That's your target, 50%. If you can find any goddamn buys, I fully recommend holding that motherfucker. And you can catch you at how many pip move? 370 on GJ. That's bankroll. You understand me? The question is, where the fuck can we get in? That's only from the monthly. You see how from the monthly alone, I came up with the analysis. A nigga don't gotta look up with. I don't gotta look at no more time frames for real. All I gotta do is go down to the lower now and find an entry. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna keep going through because this is all you gotta look at. Gaps. You look at where price is at now. What is it close to? Is it close to a high? Is it close to a gap? Where do it have to get to? It's always reaching for something. Once you figure out what it's reaching for, it's fairly simple to get the fuck in. Weekly. All right, so we come down to a weekly time frame perspective where we can keep on seeing how price continues to respect bullish shit. It keeps repeating the exact same thing, and this is why I'm so motherfucking bullish. You guys see these lows right here? All these lows. Yeah, I mean, you can even look at that previous swing low right here that she created where mouse is at. Boom. See how she ran that bitch. Liquidity sweep. What she do after that? Break structure bullish. How do I know? Closed on top of a bearish gap. Violation of a gap. Break the gap. Retest the gap. 50%. Buy the fuck up something nasty. This is very, very simple. Gaps and liquidity. All nigga need to succeed. So every single time, and notice how she pulled back down this bitch a couple weeks ago and respected it again. She can't break it. She gonna keep that shit pushing up daily. We come down to a daily time frame. I can get even more information on how she's continuing to respect bullish shit. Look at how many times she repeats the same process. I'm gonna delete this. Look how many times she repeats the same process. Y'all see these equal lows right here? Boom. Smash them. Break structure bullish. How do I know she broke structure bullish? Bearish gap. Closed on top of it. Came back to retest it. Bow, 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 bow. Keep on buying. You see how simple this is? You know what I mean? So now if I look at where price is at right the fuck now, y'all see that there's a big ass gap right here. Similar to how every single gap I done showed y'all on this motherfucking chart. These have to get filled, do they not? So you now have a short-term target, bro. This bitch has to get to 50% of this gap. Based on our analysis, she should break this motherfucking gap and do something similar to this. Break, retest, go. Just like how she did. Oh, I'm sorry. Damn. Break, retest, go. Just like how she did here. Break the gap, retest the gap, go. Just like how she did here on these gaps, right? Y'all see all these gaps over here. Bearish gap, break it, retest it, go. So see how she continues to repeat the exact same motherfucking shit?
So basically, the gap got to get 50% before it makes the actual move.
Yes, the price has to fill the gap at least 50% before she does anything. So even if this bitch wanted to sell, she got to get there first. She has to. You know what I mean? But we're expecting for this bitch to break on top. But our short-term target is going to be 50% because that's where we know we can get a potential bearish reaction from. So we're going to buy it, take it up to 50%, take profit on some of our entries, hold a little bit, see if we get a little short-term pullback from there, which 9 times out of 10 we probably will. And the short-term pullback will lead to the expansion that breaks on top of this bitch. Once she closes on top of the gap, that's murder she wrote. That bitch going up to that higher time frame target I keep telling y'all about, 375 pips to the upside. You understand? But we got short-term targets that need to get violated in order for us to get up there. You know what I mean? So once she breaks this FVG, we're gonna buy. We're gonna look for buys on GJ. We're gonna take that bitch up to 50%. Our TP1 is gonna be 50. Our TP2 is gonna be filling in the gap all the way at the high end of my box. You know what I mean? And then from there, we're gonna see if she can close on top. If she can close on top, once again, this bitch is absolutely gonna fly. And we're gonna look for more buys. All right, now the question is, where the fuck can we enter at? I already got my answer that damn quick because look how easy it is to look at a fucking chart and see the exact same thing repeat itself over and over and over and over on all time frames, which lets you know that price is fractal. It keeps doing the same thing on every single time frame. And I swear to God, all these bearish gaps right. See, first of all, see these lows right here, cleaned them. See this gap right here, cleaned it. It's that damn simple. So next time this bitch pulls back, if she does, because she's pretty close to that target we talking about. I mean, but we're gonna need a pullback. If we can get a pullback, I would love for her to retest the new week opening gap. You see, here's our new week opening gap. I would love for her to pull back and retest that motherfucker. Why? Because the new week opening gap coincidentally rests at that white line. And that white line is what? 50% of the higher time frame gap, which is telling us that multiple key areas from multiple time frames are lining up in the same motherfucking area. You know what I mean? So I would love for her to come down here and clean these lows right here and get down and retest the new week opening gap from this week. And I would love to be a buyer right the fuck here, somewhere below this 50 line. GJ is so motherfucking bullish, similar to Nas, that this motherfucker just don't be wanting to get those higher time frame pullbacks. So hopefully she pulls back there. And if and when she does, we're gonna dog ass out. If she decides like go from like one of these gaps or something like that, y'all see me call and buy if I see fit. Just know that, you know what I mean, the best possible scenario that we can get is her pulling back all the deep pullback, smash these lows and get the fuck up out of here. You know what I'm saying? And we want that to happen before we get up there. You see what I'm saying? We want this bitch to happen in sequential order. We want this bitch to pull back damn near now, come back and get whatever we need to get, and leave that white line on the table. We don't want her to get up there first and then pull back down because we don't know if that's going to turn the bearish market structure or not. Y'all understand? So we need to start looking for buys to get up there first. You understand? It's either going to happen from here on some short-term pullback type time because once again, GJ is so bullish that she doesn't need a higher time frame pullback. She doesn't necessarily need a deep pullback. She can just go from like one of these little short-term gaps right here and then keep that shit pushing. So I will say that I will be looking for buys right here, but I'm not forcing that at all because once again, the best possible scenario we can get is downhill. And if we can get that bitch down there and be able to take it up there, that adds another 300 pips to the sequence. That goes from 370 pips to down there 800. If we can get that bitch from down here and take it all the way up there. You understand? So it's all about how deep this bitch wants to pull back. However deep she want to pull back, we're definitely going to try our best to take advantage. Once again, if she gives a deep pullback we want, we just going to dog ass out. I'm going to just press buy right in the net, no questions asked, if she pulls down there. If she decides to go from like one of these little short-term gaps and get up there first before giving that deep-ass pullback, then we're gonna look for lower time frame breaks from one of these areas. So we're gonna look for lower time frame confirmation to see if she wants to go. Look at how choppy this sell-off is right here. You see this lower time frame sell-off? This is what I call retracement market structure. I mean, look at the high she leaves. I mean, all type of shit. Look at the little bitch ass FEG she leaves. She is setting up for the next major bullish expansion right now as we speak. The question is, how deep is this bitch gonna pull back? And that's what we need to get in position for. So once again, it's either here or down there. Yeah, I mean, either way it goes, we're gonna buy this bitch. And I know that's a big difference in market structure, like here versus all the way down there. That's a big space. You know what I mean? I understand that. This is why I'm going to be looking for opportunities from both of these areas. And I'll know if she'll get down here based on if she reacts bearish mirror. Like if she closes below this gap right here I'm referring to, that's a breaker structure bearish. You understand? That's when she comes down now. You dig what I'm saying? So just understand that I'm paying attention to both areas, but at the end of the day, our target is to get up to 50% up here. Really, really all the way up there to keep it gangster. But we just gonna aim there first and then see what she does. All right, so look for buys. Next pullback we get on GJ, buy opportunity, take that bitch up to that 50 watt. That's like pretty much guaranteed paper. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like that's like I'm like 100% confident, nigga.
Hey, yo, boss, you deal with pending orders? Or
Yeah, I do pending orders, but I don't
you
like
don't do pending orders?
the pending. I do, but I
Oh,
don't know where. In
Hey
this case
Tracy.
scenario, I would put a pending order all the way the fuck down here. I wouldn't put a pending order here
okay.
because
Okay.
it's too much of a.
Hey
I
Tracy
mean,
twin.
we're gonna need something deep. So I would wait for price to come here and then kind of like react off of it and market execute. I would put a buy limit down there. It makes sense.
Yeah, right. Copy.
That's how I play it. Who the fuck kept trying to interrupt the other nigga? Why I can't wait until one person done talking for the next nigga to talk? What? Where you go? No, I don't want to say nothing. All right, Freddie, let me see that
Yeah,
head,
what
man.
you talking about?
Hey, come on, man.
Freddie,
Come on, gang.
Freddie, come on, bro. It's every week,
Look.
bro. Let me see that motherfucker, gang.
I
Let me
got
see
you,
that motherfucker.
Oh,
gang.
it's
Boy,
ritual,
god
boy. Gotta
Ball,
do
damn.
it every time.
man.
God damn, boy. You know I got the
Ball
Boy,
nigga,
Sound like
huh?
entitlement, boy.
Cause you're bald, nigga. Why you
He
got
don't
it?
miss a week, man.
Hey.
He don't miss a
Let me
week,
pin
bro.
let me pin that nigga so y'all can see that
Man.
Nah,
head. We
you
gotta
look
take
like
an
Michael
intermission,
Jordan
man.
today.
Oh
Pin
my
that motherfucker
God,
right there.
Dorothy is
Everybody go look at
bugging,
that
bro.
head and make a
Back
wish,
when he
nigga.
was
Hell yeah, we
when
gotta
he
make a
looked
wish,
good.
man. Y'all got it. You know what I'm
Go
saying?
ahead and manifest y'all a good
Yeah.
trading week on that
Good
head right
week
there.
to the good week.
Oh
Good
my
week. You know what I'm
God.
saying? Oh my gosh, bro.
Tennis ball. Nigga, haircut tennisism. Haircut falling off the ball.
Oh
You looking like that
gosh, bro. I can't.
well, Michael
Gotta make
Jordan. Boy, you looking
it.
like Blake Man. Boy, you looking like Lil Bill.
Damn, they
Hey,
need the
nah,
dog
boy.
dirty.
You the man.
I
God,
can't.
Just
nah,
see
bro.
a
I ain't gonna
screen in
cap
your
to
shit.
you, boy.
The
That
nigga
head
said
is a
blank man.
mascot, boy.
Y'all
Damn,
know
they
who
did
Black
Mr.
Man?
Clean
Hey, y'all know
dirty.
who Black Man is?
Oh my
Y'all know
gosh,
who Black Man
bro.
is? That's who
Tracy,
Black
that
Man
look
Blank
like
is.
you
man, yeah,
rapping
for
too.
sure. Young
Dwayne,
pretty
that's the
black.
Wayne brothers.
Oh
The
my.
Wayne bro. Yeah, yeah.
Kiki Shepherd. Oh my gosh. Yo.
That bitch said he looked like Black Man.
Oh my
I
gosh.
read that.
You sound like him.
Boy.
That nigga, man. Nigga looking wild, man.
That
My
boy said he looked like
gosh.
Black Man.
Go
Oh,
against
bro.
the four people like that, yo.
Yo.
Nigga need
Hey,
a
but no.
hat.
Hey,
Oh
that
gosh,
head right there,
man.
get that. The only reason why I be trading good every week is I tell Freddie, let me see that
Come
head
on,
every
man.
Sunday. I don't give a fuck
Nah,
about
man.
none of
Hey,
that.
bro. Gotta keep it shiny, man. Gotta keep it shiny,
I get that
man.
motherfucker glistening, yeah, man. On God. All right, next pair. Wait, what I done did my fold. Nas Gold, GJ, Silver. All right, bye, Silver. This motherfucker, god damn. This motherfucker looking way more bullish than goddamn gold. What does he go? Type shit. Nah, Silver got them getting it up, but this bitch gonna have to pull back. I cannot touch Silver unless she gets this gap. Way too high up. Way too high up. Got to wait for the pullback. There's no motherfucking way. At least gold pull back a little bit. Nigga the one now. At least gold pull back a little bit. That's how we got our buy. That bitch Silver said fuck everything, nigga. Like she didn't even think about getting no gap. She just out of there. You understand? So I'm definitely fucking with gold's market structure a lot more simply because we already got a good retracement on this bitch. Silver's probably gonna have to pull back eventually, bro. And you wanna know what that does? It makes me a little bit scared that gold may pull back. You know what I mean? It makes me a little bit scared that gold may give a little pullback, bro. You know what I mean? But I ain't gonna worry about that until it happens. The reason why this motherfucker is pushing in the way that it's pushing is because we're inside of this 1 hour fair value gap right here. And as we know about gaps, they have to get filled. Now, she got a little bit more ways to go before she wait, hold on, am I tweaking? Well, I thought I seen a gap right there. That was not a gap. I'm wilding. Hold on. I'm tweaking. I thought that was a gap. Ugly. Oh wow. Ugly. Oh, I thought it was a gap. I'm tweaking. All right, my fault. My fault. Let's recoup. Let's recoup. We go monthly on it. We already know what's popping off with the monthly. We had monthly bullet CRT. And y'all remember how last month, let's go back to gold too. Let's go back to gold. Look at the monthly. Y'all remember how last month I kept saying at the end of the week, I was like, bro, this is a bullet monthly bullet CRT. This bitch got to go by the end of the week. Remember this last week of goddamn April. I was like, bro, this bitch got to go by the end of the week. Blah, blah, blah. And the next week came, and I was like, bro, I don't know why the fuck this bitch ain't go yet. You see what I'm saying? But you see how now she's going. It just took a little second. That's all. Just took a second. You know what I'm saying? That monthly bullet CRT is doing what it needs to do. Similar to silver. You know what I mean? Silver took a little second as well to get this bullish expansion, but the same thing popped off. All from the monthly motherfucking gap. So everything is looking good. We come down to the weekly. This bitch is definitely broke structure all the way bullish. This bearish gap right here been violated. Ain't nothing else to talk about with that. That bitch is out of there. Yeah. Everything from the weekly has pretty much been violated. We come down to the daily. Look at today's daily candle. Jesus Christ. Everything on the daily's been violated too. It's a bearish gap right here that got closed on top of. That coincidentally is going to be right at 50% of this. We need one more candlestick to open and close on the daily to create a bullish fair value gap here. And I'm gonna bet every single dollar I got that this is going to be a BPR right at 50%. You know what I'm saying? Once we get this next candlestick that opens and closes, so it's going to be a pitch perfect pullback to go just like that right there. Yeah, based on this chart right here, nigga, yeah, we don't got nowhere to go but up. We just need to pull back before we get our next expansion. I always start aiming for this high right here. First target, bow. All right, second target, nigga, growl. And then third target, which is the real reason why I believe this bitch is pushing, similar to gold, we got gaps that need to get filled. That still has to get filled. So I think that's where we ultimately push to. You see what I'm saying? This 4 hour fair value gap that's right the fuck here that hasn't gotten filled since what? March of 2020, March 1st, nigga? It's fucking May 11th. That's 2 months. This price has to come get this. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's where we're going to end up ultimately going. But we got, once again, short term targets to get there, here, there, and then ultimately that target. We just going to need a pullback. So once again, I'm going to need a pullback on silver inside of this BPR rail. You know what I mean? Notice how on the 4 hour time frame, we already got the bullish fair value gap. And let's do some magic real quick, because like that every single dollar I got, at least 50% is going to line up on the money. And that 50% line up on the money, I'm putting a ball in it right the fuck there, right here, right now. Ain't that a bitch?
Hey, Tracy.
Ain't that about a bitch? Ain't that about a bitch? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Boy, the market is called magic. What?
My bad, twin. If we close above that, if we close right now, is that a change of character? That means price went from bullish to from bearish to bullish now? Since it's on the 4 hour?
We way bullish. Way bullish. She's way on top of that gap. Hell yeah. Yeah, yeah. But nigga, we've been bullish all the way down. Nigga, we've been bullishes down here. Like the original change of character to give us like real bullishes came from like down here. Once we broke that motherfucking, she came down here and got that monthly 50%, ran liquidity right here. That see that low, swept that bitch, and then broke structure bullish here. You see this value imbalance. See how we broke that bitch, retest that motherfucker. That was our change in character to send us all the way to what we at now. Higher time frame shit.
Okay.
But this right here, everything that's happening right now as far as price continuing to close on top of bearish gaps, is just continuing to confirm that we're gonna keep the shit pushing. That's all the shit showing us. You know what I mean? So yeah, we good. We good. So we're gonna look for buys. Next pullback down here. So everybody go to y'all charts right the fuck now. And I'm not moving on no forward until y'all do this shit. I'm telling y'all gonna thank me later. Go to y'all charts. Go find this 4 hour fair value gap on silver. And go put an alert at 50% of this gap. 82,465. Or around that area. Put an alert right there. When price pulls back, that motherfucker gonna let you know on TradingView. You're gonna get an alert at your phone. Price is ill. You better go to your phone and buy it. Better go to your phone and buy it. Tell me. All right, give me one in the chat when you do that, and you understand what the fuck going on in this bitch on why I'm telling y'all to buy.
What's the other gap that's lined up with the 4-hour gap?
Daily.
Okay.
Daily.
Is that a BRP then?
BRP.
BPR?
That boy say BRP.
Yeah, I'm making my own word for it. As long as I'm right, shit.
Yeah, you tough for that. Yeah, it's BPR. That's why I'm so excited on that bitch. Next pullback, I got to do it to her ass. But once again, if I'm looking at this shit and I know that silver has to pull back, if silver pulls back, gold pulls back. You understand?
Yeah.
So if I'm looking at that shit, then it makes me believe that gold may go back down one more time to go and get that motherfucking low I was telling about. No matter what the fuck happens, nigga, we gonna buy the fuck out of it, and everybody finna flip the fuck out of their account this week. You understand me? I mean, it's gonna be easy money. We just need the pullbacks necessary to do what we need to do. That's all. Mm-hmm. But yeah, that's the play. Pull back down here, do it to us.
Hey Tracy, I got one more question to piggyback off of what you just explained. When you said the initial break of structure at the bottom, and then that was a change of character, do you base your high time frame direction off of that point?
Yeah. Yeah, once we all this shit is based off a higher time frame.
Yo, Tracy.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Damn.
God damn, I hate we all do that goddamn shit. But I know y'all niggas hear me talking, boy. What is wrong with y'all? God damn. Hey, price. This is what I high. So remember, all the shit is derived from the monthly. You see what I'm saying? All the shit came from here. You know what I mean? So we was looking for buys off of that monthly 50%. You know what I mean? And then once she got to that motherfucker, all right, once you got there, we had already seen the liquidity that price had created. So that's one thing that we love to see when it comes to higher time frame key areas getting hit is liquidity. You know what I mean? We're gonna have to see a liquidity sweep at this higher time frame key area to know it's valid. So she comes down to this bitch, and we was looking for buys of this white line right here, and she stopped short of it multiple times. That created liquidity necessary, and then she ran the shit and then broke structure bullish. So any single time I see a run on stops and then a break of structure in the opposite direction from a higher time frame key area, that is my switch. That is my change of character. That is go time.
That's why I keep getting confused because I keep looking at the 4-hour and then I see like the change of character, for example, I'm bullish, but then it might hit like a high time frame area and then it starts going down and you go into like a sell model. Like gold, for example, like 2 weeks ago.
Well, it depends on where you're looking for your break from. You see what I'm saying? Like if you're looking for a breaker structure from any random spot on the chart, you're gonna get your shit fried. But if you're looking if you're waiting for price to pull down to higher time frame key areas and then look for the play, that's what's gonna hold more weight. You know what I mean? Everything has to be derived from the monthly, weekly, daily. Wait for price to pull back into these gaps. Like for example, this ain't a higher time. This is a 4-hour gap that we're looking for. But once price pulls down to get that gotten key area, which is based off of a daily inversion 4-hour gap, so it's a BPR, strongest gap in the market. So we got a higher time frame key level that we're looking for. Once price pulls down to that 50, that's when I'll look for a run on stops and break a structure in a gap. Because it's happening at an area where price is meant to reverse. The run on stops break a structure gap is a reversal signal from the market. You see what I'm saying? But it has to happen from a higher time frame. It has to happen from an area where price is already meant to reverse from, like a higher time frame gap. Once that happens from there and you get the reversal signal, you know it's valid. Make sense?
Gotcha.
There you go. Any more questions? Somebody else was trying to ask me a question, but keep cutting me off. What's up?
Nah, bro. It's just when you're looking at it like how you've been showing us every week, dog. It's like this money's just getting recycled every minute, bro. Like you're coming on here. Obviously, days and weeks change and months and such. So, like, bro, everything is just getting recycled, bro. Like the run on stops, break of structure, gap, take it to the moon, or vice versa, going from the opposite. It's just like literally, it's just crazy, bro. Like
it just happened on gold. We just ran a low, we just broke structure bullish, and she left these equal ass highs right here. We're going up right now. Yeah, like I can once you understand
it's crazy,
that the market
bro.
literally just runs for niggas stop losses, bro, and they be turning the fuck around. I'm trying to tell y'all, it's like real simple. Like people,
That should be crazy. It's crazy, bro.
Like can y'all see what the fuck?
Yes, bro. It's just
I mean, I know Freddie
that
can
shit
see
just
it.
you can see that.
Can you once you see it, you can't unsee it. You understand? Like once you see these gaps and once you see these liquidity sweeps, bro, There's no other way you can go to any other type of trade. And I can show you 5 million examples of the shit happening today alone. You understand? Look at what happened since. Look how many times this happened today. Within what since what? Look how many times it happened since 12:44. It's 3:08. It's been 3 hours. Look how many gotten trades if you could got off the same thing. Start at this bottom right here, which is already a run on stops because that low right there is getting ran. All right, so that's already that. That's a run on stops. And then we eventually break on top of all these gaps, which is why I call it the buy, right? So we close on top of all those gaps. But let's look at down here. Look at price do this. See these lows right here that she created? Sweep them. Break structure bullish. Pull back. Expand. What about right up? Low. Sweep it. Break structure. Pull back. Expand. What about right here?
Every time.
Lows. Break structure. Pull back. Expand. And it just happened again right here. Lows. Break structure. It's going to pull back right now. We should expand. It's that damn simple. It's that fucking simple. Now, when you can memorize this goddamn structure from every single time frame perspective, oh, that's built the ass, baby. That's built the ass right there, boy.
Every fucking time, bro.
Every
God damn.
fucking time. All right. So once again, it's very simple to understand, bro. And I'm saying you just gotta have somebody that can, you gotta know how to see the shit. Let's let go the way you explain it works out. Yeah, no, price likes to fuck niggas over. How many times have y'all? I say this shit every call, right? How many times have y'all popped a trade, shit hit your stop, and then went slap to your TPs? Y'all been wondering if that happened to you before? And you got stopped out, the price,
for sure.
huh? Yeah,
For
you got
sure.
stopped out, then price goes right to your goddamn areas. You like, what the fuck?
That's
Big
not
Friday.
Just getting fucking waxed, bro. Just getting
Oh, so
waxed,
you getting
man.
whacked.
Shit.
That shit happens a lot too, don't it? Happen a lot,
Oh,
no?
yeah. Oh,
Yeah, it happened a lot, huh? I mean,
That's why you gotta get coordinated.
Yo.
So that's why you have to understand liquidity. Because if you're
Yeah,
getting
last
stopped
night.
out with your trades, you continuously get stopped down in your trades, and then price just goes exactly where you thought it was gonna go. That means your analysis ain't wrong. You just entering with everybody the fuck else. Yeah, I mean, and when you enter with the majority, you get your shit waxed. That's why I don't go. That's why I don't do support and resistance and supply and demand and all that other stupid shit y'all was asking me, because everybody does that shit. And if everybody does it, but yet trading only has what, a 5 to 10% success rate, really low than that, then what the fuck are we talking about? There's somebody lying. If everybody and mama telling me this is how you trade, but yeah, ain't nobody making money for real, somebody's lying. And you want to know what creates the liquidity? That shit that y'all be learning. That's what creates the liquidity that fucks around and get y'all niggas swept. The banks have to have liquidity in order to get into the market, which means somebody got to lose in order for somebody to win. The losers are always gonna be y'all if y'all keep going off of the shit that everybody else go off of. That's what creates the stops. That's what creates liquidity. This is why I go off the complete opposite. Supply and demand. Yeah, I'm gonna look at that same area you look at, that same supply level. I'm gonna look at it, but you gonna enter off of it, and I'm waiting for it to get swept, and then I'm gonna enter. Watch the difference. Watch you smack TP and who gets stopped out.
They should all look the same. They stop losses
Hey,
all
hey,
at the same
Tracy,
place.
But I'm putting
a
y'all on so
prime
much game. I'm putting y'all on so much game right now. But if you hearing, you hear me. If you not, boy, you crazy on game.
a prime
Tighten up.
example, just like that double top sitting on top of gold.
But
Niggas looking for.
Niggas looking for sales right now as we speak on these highs.
You feel me?
Right now.
On that double top.
So what happens? Now everybody stop losses go right on top of these highs. What's right on top of these highs? This little bitch ass. This is the gap right here. This fair value gap right here. So what is price doing now? It's creating liquidity right in the area where price got to go to anyway. 1 + 1 = 2, nigga. That gap got to get filled. And now, nigga, now the algorithm's gonna create equal highs right below the gap to make niggas sell early. And they gonna throw their stops right on top of these highs, which is the gap. Inducement.
Should be so funny.
Y'all niggas not hearing me, gang. Y'all niggas not hearing me. One day
Damn
you
near
will.
50% of people got their stop loss right.
Nigga, that's why I'm still holding this buy. Why you got a lot of motherfuckers probably gonna sell right here. And they may be right for a couple seconds. They may be right for a few pips. They might be right for a little bit.
Then they screenshot.
And then we're gonna come get their ass. And then we're gonna come get their ass.
Well, you call that analysis paralysis. Exactly what that is right there, bro. They thinking it's gonna go somewhere. They get stuck and like, and then they get
look at this
waxed,
market
man.
structure. Look at the run on stops. Look at the breaking structure in the opposite direction. And look at the fair value gap she left on the way down. We got a BPR. Oh, now we got a BPR right here and gaps. So in the picture perfect scenario, price respects is right here and keep this shit going. What?
I be paying attention so much, nigga. Look at that equal trend high liquidity. That trend high liquidity right there.
Where at?
Right there, where your line, right there, that trend line liquidity on the top where you got the the fucking like what price at right now going down, it's creating trend line liquidity, equal highs.
Yeah, I see the equal highs for sure. When we talking about something like this right here.
Not like if you make it wide, if you seeing what price doing right now, it's creating equal highs going into the zone you got.
I know that. I already know that. We talking about some shit like this.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah, nah, valid. Overly facts. Now you see how she got down. Now I was just remember how I just say goddamn in the picture perfect scenario she would have went off this BPR. Now you see how she got them say fuck that shit, right? This is liquidity at its finest. This is liquidity at its finest, y'all. If you think this bitch finna goddamn overly goddamn give a goddamn swing sale all the way back down to where we just came from without cleaning these eyes, yeah, just thinking that man. But this is what's called like a rabbit trap, right? Like in order for somebody to fall for a trick, don't the trick gotta work first? Right? You see what I'm saying? Like you know how you know them niggas in Florida, right? When they be having them goddamn the three little got them bottle caps and they put the little got them shit under the bottle cap and move
Hell
it all
yeah.
around like this. And the
Hell
first
yeah.
time at work, and you be like, oh shit, like you know what I'm saying? Like and then you get the little paper and they be like, all right, double it up then, nigga. And then they get your ass. All right. So the point I'm trying to make is that a trap doesn't work. People don't fall for shit unless it works sometimes. You understand? That's why you'll see some of these goddamn like some of these motherfucking concepts y'all was naming to me earlier. Supply, demand, boom, 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 boom. The reason why y'all fall for it because it works sometimes. It don't work all the time. All right? You know what I mean? We need something that's gonna work all the motherfucking time. We need something that's gonna hold this motherfucking weight. You know what I'm saying? And in the times when the shit doesn't work, niggas don't know why the fuck it ain't work. Yeah, I mean, like niggas, you can't explain why it happened. You understand? This is why this strategy outweighs all the other strategies. Because at least I know why the fuck I'm motherfucking losing. You see what I'm saying? If I can know why the fuck I'm losing, I can tighten the fuck up. You understand? So like tricks don't like once again, tricks have to work from time to time. So you gonna see double bottoms hold their weight sometimes, equal lows, equal highs. They'll hold their weight sometimes. Like right now. Those triple tops up top, it's holding the weight right now. You
Like
know
a
what I mean?
motherfucker.
Right now. So what does this do for the average trader that popped the sell up there? Now every single time they see market structure like that, what they gonna do?
Sell.
They gonna sell every single time.
Stop loss above right there.
Exactly.
Hey,
Every single time they see it. You know what I mean? And as y'all can see by all the time, all the shit I've been showing y'all, this shit don't hold weight, does it? It only holds weight sometimes. You know
Trace,
what
I
I mean?
got a question, bro.
What?
So I feel like the one be a little too fast for me sometimes. What's like a lower time frame? I
15.
guess you okay, that was cool.
I already knew what you was getting at 15.
Yeah, that should be
Mhm.
throwing me off.
A lower
Wise
time frame that
man
still
once
a
said,
lower time frame that still gives you all the information that you need while still being able to scalp and do what you need to
Yep,
do.
15. Bet. Appreciate you.
15. Mm-hmm. All right, go. We starting to get our little pullback. You see what I'm saying? She's starting to goddamn do a little thing. Doesn't want to pull back. So let's break this bitch down a little bit before I goddamn go to Forex Factory and shit to see what the possible scenarios is. I mean, so if we break this
hey,
bitch
you can do
down,
US 30 for you hop off, Tracy.
like, man, all right, yeah. So boom. All right, so pay attention to where price is. Okay, so we see this 5 minute fair value gap, and you see we're like kind of below it. You know what I mean? So that means we have to have a more precise reason. That's why we stopped right here. When I come to the three, I find that reason. There's a fair value gap right here on the three. Now, this right here is going to determine a lot for us because if we end up breaking below this 3 minute gap, that's
Hello?
retracement time. You see what I'm saying? That's motherfucking retracement time. That means we come back and I think retest like this gap right here. You see what I'm saying? And come and get this 50 watt before the next continuation. You see what I'm saying? If we continue to respect, and this ain't nothing but a liquidity sweep, like here, because once again, as you can see, all these candlesticks are reacting off the 50% level. You see what I'm saying? They're not necessarily breaking it, we're just coming back to retest. That's very, very good market structure. You see what I'm saying? But if that's gonna hold its weight, then once again, we're gonna need to see the same thing we have right here. You see how price ran stops and that broke structure bullish, and then we thought it was green bean. She said, fuck that shit. We need the same thing to happen right here in order for this move right here to send us up to that next take profit. You know what I mean? So she just ran lows. We just came back into another bullish key area. She needs to break on top of the BPR she created. If she can't break that, then we're gonna see a retracement, which is fine. I'm still gonna hold my positions. I just got all my goddamn sales and profit. So I'm still gonna hold everything because we got entries down here on the bottom. You see what I'm saying? But it just lets us know that we're gonna get a little retracement. The retracement, I will look once again inside of this 15-minute fair value gap right here. Come back to get 50% of this bitch. You know what I mean? But I don't think this. I really honestly don't think she's gonna go too crazy for a sale without coming back and get this gap right here. But we're gonna see about that. And the deeper she goes down, if she wants to pull back on some tight time, the deeper she pulls back, the more of another, the better of another buy position we can get. Because if she pulls back, we're just gonna buy it again. We call another signal. We'll take it up there. Yeah, I mean, so I'm not necessarily tripping on what the fuck she does. I would just want for her to got them go ahead and grab this before got them doing a pullback if she wants to pull back. You see what I'm saying? So all that's going to be determined from once again this 3-minute gap that we sitting in. If we cannot break structure from this 3-minute gap, we're gonna see a pullback, which means more buying opportunities. You know what I mean? But once again, I gotta manage our trades wisely. We still hold. You know what I mean? If this shit turns into a break of structure, liquidity sweep, and then we can goddamn get up out of here from that, then we're gonna see the shit get grabbed right here, right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and goddamn get to securing some profits and shit. So yeah, that's where we at with gold. Y'all understand what I'm telling y'all? Like it's all about how price wants to react from where these areas is at right now. This is making sense. Give me ones.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 111.
111. Notice how I'm only care about. Notice how I'm only caring about liquidity and gaps. You know what I'm saying? Once again, notice how I'm emphasizing liquidity gaps, nothing more, nothing less. You understand? Nigga say 911. All right, so once again, it's 3:20. I'll stay on this bitch for another like 15 minutes or so and see what the fuck going on. We already done smack TP, so you know what I mean, we already green.
Hey Tracy,
a little bit longer. If y'all got any questions by all means, y'all can ask away.
Tracy, once gold does shoot up, when do you think will be a good stop loss or profit? Like where do you think it's gonna stop at where we should just go ahead and take that profit?
Stay up here at these highs. That's the target up here. As a target. The question is she gonna pull back before doing that, bro? Like looking at the 4-hour, she might. So it's all depending on what she does from here. You know what I mean? But she definitely out there and looking at silver too, and looking at how silver still hasn't pulled back to get his gap yet. There's correlation, if you ask me, to think that if silver pulls back, gold's gonna pull back, and vice versa. So, you know what I mean? If I look at this 4-hour time frame right here, see how on the 1 hour we already pulled back to like retest this gap, but I kept telling y'all we stopped short of 50 and all that good shit, and then on the 4-hour, now we got a 4-hour fair value gap that's right inside that motherfucking, you know what I mean? Right inside that motherfucker. That's gonna have to get retested too. You know what I mean? So eventually this bitch is gonna pull back. It's probably going that may or may not happen before we get up to those highs. That's why I called a lot of short-term take profits on the way up to that higher time frame take profit. And that's why I'm also emphasizing the fact that if we can get to this gap prior to pulling back, I'm going ahead and take majority of my entries. You know what I mean? Because once again, there's a good chance that she can got them liquidity sweep one more time if silver pulls back and gets this motherfucker right here. You know what I mean?
Okay, gotcha.
Need y'all to manage y'all positions wisely right now. If you still hold these goddamn buys, once again, everything that I'm doing pretty much on my trades is based on like what she does for me. You know what I mean? So just manage y'all positions wisely and see if we can get this goddamn breaking up. You know what I mean? But she's respecting this bitch, bro. She keep trying to goddamn notice how the bitch paying ping. This is why I only go off of gaps. Ping pong. Gap, 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 gap. The bitch gotta choose which way she wanna break. Are you gonna break on top of this? You're gonna break below that. Once she chooses a side, you're gonna see it dump or fly. Gaps. You know, again, gaps. If she chooses to break below this gap, drop. She chooses to break on top of this gap up here, block. Simple. And so you watch this bitch play ping pong. She's indecisive right now. She don't know what she want to do. But she'll choose a side. And once she chooses a side, we'll see what the fuck going on. I mean, let me go look at Forex Factory and see what's popping off with the red folders this week. That bitch look like blank man. Damn, that bitch like blank man. Boy, you're looking like a blank man. Calendar. All right. What's this week? Yes, it is. Tomorrow we got CPI at 8:30. You know we on that ass. And then chair nomination vote. Is the new nigga getting elected this week? The new pal? He getting elected this week? You know, y'all know Powell up out of here now.
Yeah.
If boy, this gonna do something, boy.
Yeah.
That might do something, boy. Y'all know Powell's up out of here now, bro. So they're replacing him this week. You know what I mean? We may see some volatility for sure. Y'all know how much of a major role Powell played in the markets. You know what I mean? So we got a new nigga, and it say he disagrees with anything Powell said. That could reverse the market. You know what I mean? Like when you never know what the fuck got. What if he comes in this bitch with new policies or whatever the fuck, however the fuck that shit go? I don't know how to feel shit.
They say that's Trump's boy.
That's Trump's
Yeah,
boy.
yeah, they say he a yes sir.
Oh shit, that means whatever Trump say, the shit gonna follow.
Yep, they've been saying that shit for months.
We're cooked, bro. We're cooked. Oh man.
Hey,
Now
Trump
we
a
got
real nigga, boy. That boy smoked everybody and put his homeboys in this shit. Like, fuck it. Just follow my lead.
he damn sure did too. That nigga got him dropped everybody and said,
Everybody.
bitch only.
They said fuck Harvard degrees or Yale and all that law school shit.
That shit
Yeah,
dead. A
follow
silent
me.
dictatorship. Ain't there a re-election this year? That shit probably not even gonna happen. Or it's a mid. What's
The
what is it?
midterm shit is
The
coming up
midterm.
for all the local offices and shit.
Trump trying to set that shit up, boy, where he ain't
The
going
nigga took
nowhere.
away all black people voting rights.
Yeah, Trump ain't trying to. Trump is not trying to get out of that office, bro. That nigga gonna be stuck in that bitch. Oh my God, Trump ain't playing. All right, gold just broke below the little gap that I didn't want to see get broke. So I mean, it is what it is at this point. I now need y'all to manage y'all trades wisely if you're still holding. I also want you to learn from this because, as I say, we break below that gap, boy, it might be overly. You know what I mean? So unless this bitch turns into a liquidity sweep by just running these lows again, which I doubt, yeah, you know what I mean? Get to managing your shit how you need to manage your shit, y'all. All right, but once again, we definitely already secured TP1. We was a couple pips away from TP2. TP2 is right here on top of these highs. That gap. You know what I'm saying? So this motherfucker act like she don't want to get it. Manage your trades wisely. Because once again, eventually we're gonna see our way back up here getting that motherfucker. You know what I mean? But how deep she want to pull back now? That's the question that we got to get answered. That's the question that Price got to prove to us. So once again, I ain't gonna keep saying the same thing repeatedly. Manage your positions wisely, please. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
All right. But good money for the day. You know what I mean? Great money for the day. TP1, Smash, Gold. I mean, some Nas. We had an amazing buy last night. So we're already 2-0 to start the motherfucking week. I mean, I'm gonna stay on this bitch just a little bit longer to see if Gold is just like liquidity sweep or if she really gonna dump the fuck off. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the motherfucking day. Yeah, I got any
Hey
more
Tracy,
questions?
I ain't gonna lie, twin. That
All
tape
right.
really hard, nigga. That won my phone. That
Nah,
bitch go crazy, twin.
I ain't gonna lie, but that show I just did, boy, that bitch was crazy.
We was turned.
Oh
We
my
was turned.
God, boy, that motherfucker. Well, I'm talking about a real trader talk show, nigga. What, nigga?
Shit was lit,
That
bro.
nigga couldn't stop
Oh,
smiling.
word. Talking about the show.
Nigga, what?
Say
Boy,
less.
I could not stop smiling at all. Boy, I had
God,
the time of
that
my
shit was
life in that
lit as
bitch.
a bitch. It's cause you
That shit,
did your motherfucking thing.
yeah, that shit was lit, bro. I appreciate it. That shit was crazy. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, that shit
I
was
can't.
love.
And one thing I couldn't really believe. Oh, that's ain't you bro from the goddamn shit?
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna get with you. My phone was broke. I got you.
I'm weak as hell. That's one of the promoters from the show.
Okay.
I got you. I got you.
That's what's up, bro. I didn't know you was on the call. That's what's up. Yeah. But
He
yeah, bro,
trying
that
to
shit was.
tap in.
He trying to tap in. I'm gonna get him right too. I'm gonna get him right. Hey.
Overly in the right spot.
Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. But yeah, bro, that show was absolutely amazing, bro. You know what I mean? And one thing that really surprised me is y'all know that album dropped Thursday, bro, and then the party was Friday. So the fact that y'all niggas knew the words in them songs within 24 hours, you know what I mean? That's what surprised me the most. Like when I was like all prophets and shit, like that's normal. Everybody know prophets. That's old news. But that album, y'all came in this bitch singing this bitch word for word, and the shit only been out 24 hours. That's what surprised me the most. No game. I was like, wow, bro, niggas is really fucking with the trader talk shit, but that shit crazy. And it ain't just my main people that be in all the shows. Neither. I'm talking about nigga new motherfuckers I ain't never met before in my life. Yeah, I mean they popping up. Goddamn, I'm pulling up, man. Cameras out, nigga. You talking about a celebrity feeling, boy? I don't even want to be no celebrity, nigga. I'm just that's what that motivation do, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just to be a goddamn inspiration to everybody else, bro. That shit crazy. You know what I mean?
Man,
So
you already a celebrity. Stop it.
I
He
don't want to
not
be that.
even knowing.
So
Nigga, that tape
celebrity is
so tough, dude.
a celebrity ain't the right word. You know what I mean? I
Well,
don't think
yeah,
that's
let's
the right
change the
word
He
word
for
an
then.
it.
influencer for
Yeah,
sure.
I mean, yeah, but I definitely got my motherfucking the face
I've
card
been
is there now, bro. We building up something amazing, bro. And that was my first show. And another thing about that show is we only had a week to get them promoted, and the bar was damn near packed out. We almost had a bitch of capacity. Nigga, we ran out of drinks and everything. Like niggas got to fight. Bitches got to fight in that bitch over a vape. Like everybody in that bitch drunk.
That shit
One of
was
my
crazy.
game. One of my homeboys that hit a nuts hit somebody else's car. Like they got on game, boy.
A
Y'all, you
lady
wanna know what's
threw
crazy?
up.
Y'all wanna
Yeah.
know what's crazy about that shit? if y'all was at that show, bro, y'all remember goddamn one of my homeboys hit somebody else's car, right? The nigga car that he hit, the nigga tried to call 12 of my mans, right, on some insurance type time. The nigga had a warrant. This nigga go to jail. The nigga car that got hit.
The bouncer? That was the bouncer
Yes.
on it. Oh my
He had a warrant. So the nigga got his car hit, tried to snitch, and went to jail on the same night. Boy, I'd be mad as hell, boy. Boy, I'd be sick, boy. Oh, God.
That shit crazy.
God damn.
Boy, I'd be sick as hell, boy. I swear to
Nigga
God,
called the
I'd be
police
sick.
on himself.
Damn,
Oh,
that's why
he
I ain't
called
know
12 on
that.
himself. Oh my God, but that
Jeez.
shit had me
This
in that
nigga
bitch
called the
crying.
police on himself.
On
That's
Nah,
crazy.
that's
himself.
crazy work, man.
On my
Damn.
soul. Well, my nigga called me happy as hell. Like, but where you at, bro? Where you? I was like, oh shit. Oh shit, bro. That shit was crazy, man.
What a night.
But yeah, bro, we had an amazing motherfucking night, bro. That shit was definitely the best performance I ever had, bro. And I mean, and I like that one the most because once again, like, all the other performances I did was either open up for someone else or like on some open mic lame shit. So goddamn, like everybody that was in that bitch ain't for me. This show was for me. We only had a week to goddamn promote this motherfucker. We still had that bitch packed out. So, you know what I mean? Imagine what we're gonna do next time when we have a bigger venue and we got more time to promote. You know what I mean? Fuck around and get someone else to open for me or whatever the case may be. Like really promote this motherfucker in the way that we do it. Boy, Trader Talk gonna be on the map real soon. Give me 6 months.
I'll do that thing big. The next one, we ain't gonna play around.
We ain't gonna play around at all, at all. You know what I mean? So I think we got something big on our motherfucking hands right now with this Trader Talk shit, bro. Like, yeah, that show showed me a lot. So goddamn, we gonna run with this shit. That's why I'm keep going on. That's why I'm going everywhere. You know what I mean? Y'all see, I got the event coming up in Charlotte this weekend, and then
We going to Charlotte this
Get y'all
weekend for
tickets.
sure. Let's go
yeah, get
to
y'all tickets, bro.
Charlotte.
It's $10 for salsa.
$10. Get y'all
You can't beat
tickets.
it. You can't motherfucking beat it, bro. We got surprise guests pulling up, nigga.
Yeah.
Boy, you got
Tracy,
you.
would you ever do something in like the New York, New Jersey area?
I'll do wherever that money at. Man, you talking about hell yeah, I come to New York.
We tapping in
That
from
makes sense.
You
Chicago
know, we
this
going to
weekend.
Brooklyn. We going everywhere.
I'll go to Africa right now. That money right. On the guys, what we talking about? It's not even about the money no more. I'm gonna make money regardless. I'm a trader. You know
Yeah,
what
I'm
I mean?
saying my dude.
I just need to
Go
go
to
where the most people is at. Like I gotta go where the most traders is at,
That
nigga.
makes
Like I gotta
sense.
promote.
Yeah.
I mean,
Hey
I can't keep
Tracy,
popping out nowhere. What?
bro, you ever paid for a Say Cheese post, bro? Cause I think that's why I seen you on Say Cheese or some shit, gang.
Look, nah, the only page that I paid for was Fuchsia's. And that's
Fuchsia.
because Fuchsia stayed in North Carolina. That's the only post I ever paid for. I only did that once. So if you ever
Yeah,
see me on
Future
Say
be
Cheese,
everywhere though.
if you ever see me on Say Cheese, that's organic. I
Yeah, I
ain't
think
even talking
that's
about
why I see
service.
you on Say Cheese.
Yeah, well, that nigga had found me. I've never paid for Say Cheese. I don't even fuck with them niggas. They charge too motherfucking much. Niggas want like $2,000-$3,000 for a post. I ain't fucking
Yeah,
no.
he ain't no joke. Yeah,
No,
Shine ain't
bro.
no joke.
I did my research on them. I was gonna pay. I was gonna do it. Back when I was still blowing up. And I still trying to goddamn get my name out there and shit. And charge too much. So once again, you see me on Say Cheese, nigga, that's because they fuck with the young nigga. Nothing more, nothing less. Gang.
Nah,
Hey,
I ain't gonna lie.
gang. Huh?
Yeah, I was gonna say, nigga, that tape really hard, and I feel like you have very like good song selection, like the category how you placed it, nigga, that shit was fire, gang.
Yeah, I tried to make it a little bit more versatile than the last few albums. You know what I mean? Put some different swag, put some different sauce in that motherfucker. Still give y'all that turnt shit, but you know what I mean? Give y'all a little bit of different. A nigga, I remember I react off y'all, bro. Like I make the music that I want to hear and shit, but I know what y'all want to hear. You dig what I'm saying? Like Trader Talk it's for me, but it ain't for me. It's so that y'all can have shit to listen to while we trading, so we can have some motivation. So I react off of what the fuck y'all like. You know what I'm saying? So goddamn, every single time I see like what's my most goddamn turnt songs, whatever the case may be, I just try to goddamn mold some shit around that shit, bro, to make that shit make sense. But this album, I wanted to try some shit different, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, once again, just throw some different swag on that motherfucker. I'm glad y'all liking that shit too, because I was a little, you know what I mean? I was a little scared. You know, they gonna fuck with this shit. They want that turn shit. They want that Nas and the casket shit, the whole album. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, but I'm glad y'all fuck with
Nah,
this shit.
you getting the crowd locked in that shit though.
Yeah, nah, yeah, I just know. Nigga, I've been on the stage my whole motherfucking life. Since I was a kid, nigga, no cap. Stunks as a team might be one of the hardest motherfuckers on no cap. Yeah, Stunks as a
Mm-hmm.
team is that shit. They just walked out the club, I just still stopped. I'm getting that bitch hard. I like how Gold just like ran these lows right here and then like broke on top of this little 1 minute gap. So I'm curious to see if that leads to us getting right back inside this BPR. That's the shit I wanted to stay on the call to see if she was just liquidity sweeping or if she was really gonna dump the fuck off. You know what I mean? And exactly what the fuck I thought was gonna happen happened. She just ran lows and then broke back up. What you're seeing right now is a live and direct liquidity sweep. Right in front of your face. Live in front of your face. You know what I mean? When we run lows and turn smack the fuck around. That's why I stayed on the call. Because I had a feeling this was gonna happen. You know what I mean? And it happened. So hopefully this sends us back up to these motherfucking highs, nigga, before any crazy dump off potentially happens. But once again, in order for that to happen, we still gotta break this. We still
Tracy.
gotta break this. So that's what's up. In a picture perfect world, this gap right here holds its weight on this retest. In a picture perfect scenario, this right here holds its weight and we come right back inside this gap. It's picture perfect scenario. So hopefully it's picture perfect. All right. What's up? Somebody ask something?
Yeah, you be caring about what time it be?
Time and what? Yeah, kill zones. That's another reason why I'm curious in this because it's what kill zone is, of course, members.
Because
All
you
right.
saying that it's like 3:30 my time, so
Yeah,
I'm like market gonna close, so I don't know if it's gonna reach there.
3 to 4. 3 to 4. Get the course. 3 to 4.
Let's go.
Get the course, you'll know what the fuck I'm talking about right now. That's another reason why I stay on the call, because I knew what time it was. And that's kill zone happening right the fuck now. Now that bitch break structure, boy. I'ma get lit in this bitch today, boy. I swear. What's up?
Yo, I have an issue with Genesis. It's not. I'm trying to update my email. I done sent them a couple supports a couple emails and they ain't responded. I'm trying to update my email. There's an old email on there that I can't get in. You know, you can't withdraw no bread out of Genesis if your email ain't, you know what I'm saying, updated.
Make a new account.
But I mean the bread is in there. How I'm gonna get the bread out?
You tell them to transfer it. Or just get are you in IB? Are you in any of my are you in my IB chats?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
If you don't know, then you're not.
I mean, I'm in everything. Shit, I done been in, you
Never got
feel
on
me?
the call
The
with me
IB
and all.
chat special.
Nah,
Nah,
yeah,
it's different.
exactly. That IB chat is where we get all the gotten support at. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I ain't.
So what's the IB chat? How I get
Damn,
in
how I
this
get in the
one?
B chat, man? I'm
Like,
left
word,
out of the
I know
B
where
chat,
niggas be
man.
at. Hey,
Gotta
something
become
else
an IB,
besides
bro.
BIB?
Y'all gotta support the wave, bro. The only y'all gotta come in this bitch and be CS4L, nigga. That's how.
Straight
Oh
up.
God, nigga. Y'all gotta come in this bitch and push the wave, nigga. You know what IBs are? They're independent business owners. So what an IB is y'all know how I asked y'all to fund up with my link to get free signals? You think I'm not getting no money? That's what that is, nigga. You think I ain't getting no money off of me getting y'all paid? You crazy. And at least I'm a
Oh, you
nigga.
talking
And at
about
least I'm a nigga that's gonna keep it gangster with you. You know what I mean? So that's what an IB is in a nutshell, bro. You get niggas to sign up for your link, nigga, then you make money on the back end.
But
And
yeah,
that's where you get
I
all
had
that extra.
Genesis. I'm a go through, but I had Genesis for a minute. I had Genesis and Gates for a minute. I didn't tap in, bro. I didn't pay for this Forbes. I didn't been in y'all. I didn't put a lot of money in y'all pocket. You
I'm
feel me?
already knowing. Yeah, man, I'm already motherfucking knowing. You dig what I'm saying? But
But
goddamn,
yeah,
but
I
see, I'm
definitely tap into the link. Drop the link in the
tap
chat
into
right
the
here.
this is why I stayed on the call. Look at this. Look at this. I fucking knew it. Turn on, motherfucking God. Man, hold on, nigga. I ain't gonna do it. Yeah, I ain't gonna do it. Yeah, hold on. But I'm telling you, boy, that's kill zone for your ass, boy. I know my shit, my brother. That course is disgusting, my brother. I'm telling you, it's so nasty, nigga. It's so nasty.
That shit
nigga.
nasty.
It's so nasty, bro. Oh my god. Now in the picture perfect way, now how I said picture perfect scenario from here we fly, we did. Picture perfect scenario again.
Pull back.
Retest this little gap we just broke on top of and let's go get them highs. Picture perfect scenario. Let's hope it's picture perfect. Let's hope it's picture perfect. You know what I'm saying? At this point, if you're still holding the trade, I want everybody to put their stop right here below this low. That just ran liquidity. That's a low key. That might be a breaker structure. Picture perfect scenario. We don't get back below that low until those highs get hit. We talking about stops here. Trailing that 1 minute low right there. I mean, that's deep in profit. All right, that's halfway between TP1 and TP2, nigga. Green. All right. Now, let's see if we can got down swerve from here. Because that once again, that's exactly why I stayed on the car, bro. Y'all niggas be thinking this shit some Instagram shit, boy. We is some gurus in this bitch, boy, but not the Instagram gurus, nigga. Nah, we some I'm like Freddy Head, bro. You know what I mean? Anything I say go when you know what I mean? Like I'm like Freddy Head. You know what I mean? Like real cold with the shit. You understand what I'm saying? I mean real I'm like Freddy Head. I'm real smooth. You know what I mean? Real smooth with the shit.
Now that
You know
course
what
is
I mean?
undefeated for real, bro. That shit
Look
is
at this
that.
motherfucker fly. Turn on my
Gee,
goddamn motherfucking goddamn shit. Turn on my goddamn shit. No. Turn right time now. Mm-mm. Turn it on.
Yeah, play that winning team.
I gotta hear that bitch. I get money. I do real quick. Hold on.
Dude, that's
Cause I'm getting too much money. Oh shit! Turn that bitch off. You see, I'm just vibing real quick. Turn it on.
Line them up. Go.
Hey, what that bit Joaquin needs to be doing? Hey, where Ari at? Where Ari? Where Ari? I need her.
She on here.
She on there. Now where she at?
Go hit it, Ari.
How weak is that?
You know he gonna call you Ari.
Hey. Hey.
Get money, I do. Everything on me be new. Get money, I do.
Oh, I'm pausing it,
I love these calls. I love these.
I'm pausing it, bro. Because every single time
You get too hype, yeah.
Yeah, I'm pausing it right the fuck now. I'm gonna just wait until.
Yeah, I brought it up here. I didn't want to leave it on
wait
the back
until we
of the field.
clean this high again real quick.
I thought it was Brian.
Not too much. I'm gonna wait until we clean that high right
Yeah, I'm
there.
just waiting on
Clean
Louise
that high
right now.
again. We should be green. We clean that high again
Just
after
right
we just
there.
created it. We should be green. I ain't gonna cap. So I'm gonna wait for that to happen, and then I'm gonna turn up. And the shit live stream, nigga. We getting it. We are here. Who's still on YouTube? I'm curious. Let me see how many. Oh yeah. I'll turn it back on.
View. Bitch, I get money, I do. Look how I put on my crew.
Yeah, I need to mute this motherfucker. Keep making that big move.
I told you, nigga.
Go.
Out of there.
I do. Come on. Bitch, I get money, I do.
I told you, nigga. This is what I do, nigga.
Fucking this time out, boy. Bitch, I get money, I do. Me and the paper, we go together. I call the money my boo. I keep my circle smaller than nipples. Only can fuck with a few. Call up my broker, I need my profits. Sending that money right through. Smoking inside it, you're in the thinking. I'll call it Pepe Le Pew. No, I ain't stingy. Come bring your friend. I like all my hoes by the two. No, I ain't crazy, but I think both of my pockets done lost them a screw.
2500 my shoe. I'm on a plane up a roof. I make it do what it do.
I'm finna bum me a move. Bitch, I'm a trader. I get too much paper.
Don't know what to do with it. Buy me a zoo, nigga.
My pride, so I think at that time, bitch, I'm feeling like Emperor. I'm in my groove. Coming with me, ain't no way you can lose. I hop out the ghost, bitch, I feel like a ghoul. There ain't no way I can live by the rules. As long as I'm having a nigga, I'm smooth. Pocket be full of these blue. Bitch, I get money, I do. Everything on me be new. Bitch, I get money, I do. No, you can tell by the view. Bitch, I get money, I do. Look how I put on my crew.
But that course is so disgusting, bro. Hey, nigga, if you in this bitch from the free signals chat,
Can I get in the free signals chat, my
if you
nigga?
in this bitch from the free signals chat, if I don't get profits to my Telegram, and if I don't get niggas tagging me on story right now, take a screenshot of this chat of us deep in profit and tag me on that story. If I don't see that, no more signals. I'm not playing. All we
You
ask
just
for is
reposted my shit the other
I
day.
just did everything. I'm trying to get in the
I
signal.
post to everybody goddamn shit if I seen it.
Jelly off that
Oh,
bitch.
game.
I
This
hit
nigga
you with
just
it, Telly. I'm
said
trying
no
to
more
get in the signal.
goddamn signal.
God damn it, I'm
Now.
trying
I be
to get in
getting
the
that.
signals chat. I ain't never been in the
Hell
motherfucker.
Yeah,
no,
where
nigga.
how I getting it? I'm trying to get in it too.
Fund up 300 with my motherfucking broker link. And send
I'm
me a
funded up
screenshot when you
3K,
finish.
nigga. I need to be in that motherfucker.
Oh,
He
damn.
said they funded up 3K.
That
said
nigga
what?
Tracy look
Send
like
me that
Michael B.
screenshot. Send
Jordan.
me that screenshot again right now.
I've been
Bet.
sent you my
You gotta
I'm
screenshot.
be
finna send it in
under
the
his
chat
link
right
though.
now.
Look at
Y'all
Millie.
got to understand, my nigga. I got 5 million DMs a day, so I ain't ducking none of y'all. But send it
I
to me
already
again so you can
know.
be right in front of my shit. I get y'all in
Hey,
there.
put Millie in the camera again, though.
Yeah, what up, Millie? $1 million
Yeah, put it in the
Millie?
camera, nigga. Tag us. Tag us on my story,
That man
nigga,
said
right now.
$1 million Millie?
tag us.
Mm-hmm. Tag us in the
All my
motherfucking story,
stories.
man. That's all we
Hey, that
ask for
shit is
is to
funny.
show the
Don't act
profits.
like y'all know Millie. Don't say
I
her
know
name or
Millie.
nothing. Don't act like y'all know
Oh,
Millie.
I know Millie.
Oh,
Please.
I know
gang.
Millie.
Nigga, I
Don't
was
y'all
overly
don't know
bought it.
Millie.
They don't know Millie.
They
Who
don't
don't
know
know
Millie.
Millie?
The only people that know Millie is Ari and Jerry.
Yeah.
Cap.
Oh, well, okay,
That's
Jerry,
the
you
only people
cool
that know
then. I
Millie.
guess. I guess you could say
I be
Millie.
at the crib.
Cap.
Jerby at the crib more than you are.
Millie be at my crib. We're not talking about me being
Oh,
at your
These
that's
crib.
are
Fuck
sweet.
is you
facts.
talking
These
about?
That's
are
sweet. That's
facts.
sweet.
Millie
These
be
I
at
ain't
are
my
even gonna
shit.
facts.
lie, bro.
Ari's my main, but you don't want to watch my baby no more.
Shut
I
up.
hope Millie
Look,
shit
you
on
Yeah,
your
don't know how
story
your
right
exactly.
baby
quick.
did me. I was
Exactly.
talking shit. I was talking shit.
I know how my baby is. Trust me.
No,
I
you
hope
don't know
Millie
how
shit.
she
I
did
hope
me
Millie shit
last
on your
That's a
summer.
pillow
Like she
baby.
tonight,
did me
bitch.
so dirty. Oh my god,
She's
y'all.
only one.
I got her
She's
sitting in here,
only
y'all.
one.
I put a little puppy pad up on her and all like, all
I
right,
don't
you
care
gonna be
about that
cool.
damn puppy
On my
pad.
Hey
mama, she
Millie,
threw
hey
that
Millie,
bitch
shit on
up
that
and
nigga
shit it all over
George.
my carpet.
She'll piss on that bitch to eat it.
No, she
Won't even
didn't.
piss
She
on it.
threw that bitch.
She need to
She
shit
threw
on your
that bitch up
keyboard,
first,
bro.
and then shit it all over my motherfucking carpet. I was only mad. I was
She
talking
need
shit
to
to me.
shit
I'm
on the
like, tell that nigga I don't
keyboard.
give a fuck.
She
I'm not
need to
keeping
shit
her
on
no
that
more.
nigga
But it was only
monitor.
because
She
I
need to
had to
shit on
scrub a
that
little
nigga
shit. I
mic.
was mad. I ain't
Man,
mad
She
no
need to
more.
shit on that nigga
it's
pillow.
always
Make
it's
that bitch
always
warm.
annoying in the moment. Then you love her
Yeah, I'm
all
like,
over
I ain't
again.
mad no more. I was mad in the moment. I was talking shit. I'm like, come get this bitch. Like, she can't come back over here.
She give you them
But
eyes. That's why them little milky
and she's
eyes.
so cute. Oh my goodness,
It
she was just
do.
sitting there. I
I know.
felt so bad.
I know.
Oh,
It's like how I feel bad. Can you
Keep
you the
sending
one
them
shitted on my
prophets,
floor?
everybody.
cause you a
Yeah, she shit
nasty
on
little
everybody's
bitch.
floor. That what she is. She just like to take shits. I guess. I don't know.
That's really her
I
favorite
took
thing
her
to do.
outside. I had to walk her.
Look, I did too, bitch. I took her out. That bitch be with
Bro,
me. She don't be in
she'll
here.
walk and she'll like put her little pussy on the floor like and act like
Oh
she
my
pissing and
goodness,
she
just
not pissing.
nasty. Pussy just
Oh,
be
gang. You know she got them lay her little shit down on the ground.
yeah,
Like
in the
To the floor is
ground, in the
she'll do
crazy.
that
dirt, in the
shit.
grass.
She'll do that
So
shit,
she
but
getting a
she
little
don't piss
crumbs and
for
shit.
I
she
don't
don't
even
piss
know her
for
to
real.
Gigi.
Millie's
That
still
shit
learning.
crazy.
She ain't
That
shit.
shit crazy.
She goes straight down to the ground.
I ain't gonna lie, this bitch pulled back, bro. I might pop another entry on hers. I ain't gonna
Alright,
cap
you
to
do
you,
that.
bro.
I'm popping one too. Fuck it.
Bro, I'm on
Now,
futures right now, bro. I
now
can't
these
even
gaps too.
trade that shit, bro.
These gaps
I'm
too goddamn
ready.
clean, bro. The highs too clean with the gap right here.
I'm
I just
ready.
want to give me
I
one more
gotta
entry
wait.
to take it up
I
there.
gotta wait for market to reopen.
Got your
Maybe.
corn?
Yeah, you know
What
who
up,
it
bro?
is. The only one.
How you been?
I've
The
been
only
good.
one.
I've been good. I ain't lost a motherfucking trade in like 3 months.
Okay.
Man,
Took a
shut the
break.
fuck up.
You took a break.
No,
You
I
say
didn't take no
you
break.
say you ain't
I've been
lost a
just
trade
I
in
ain't
3
gonna
Oh, I
lie.
thought
months.
you said he ain't took a trade in 3 months.
No, I
You
haven't.
say
No, I haven't lost a trade in 3 months.
Oh,
Okay,
good.
period. You the
Good shit,
TP.
bro.
Look at you.
What they call that? Flow state.
It's cause I've been trading at the same time every day. Like, and my strategy repeatable as fuck. The way
where the withdrawals at? That's what I got to see. You
nigga,
can't come
I'm on
on
the
this
way
bitch.
to a payout right now as we
You
speak.
can't
Oh,
come
look at
on this bitch.
those.
Listen,
Look
you
at
can't come
those.
on this bitch and say you've been
And I'm in
you lost
gold
a trade in
bars
3
right now.
months.
Yeah,
Where is
show
the
us some
withdrawal?
drop
I
some
got
withdrawals in the chat.
You
Give us
trade in
some
New York
give us some
session?
flying, baby. Come on,
Yeah, I
go.
trade New York and Asian open.
give us some
Oh, that
motivation.
open? Oh, yeah.
Give us some
Drop
Yeah.
some. Let me
motivation.
see some withdrawals, my slime.
Give us
That's
some
what I like to
motivation,
see. That's
Jacorn.
what I like to see.
Slime, I'm on the way to. I need literally one more. I'm waiting for Asian session right now for one more $200 day, and I'm gonna question withdrawal.
750. That was last week, right there. Good shit.
Literally.
Okay, then.
Nah,
Okay,
brother,
then.
both of them was last
Okay,
week.
then. Both of these bitches was last week.
Yeah,
Oh
both of them
shit.
Okay,
bitches
then
was last week.
162.
Good
Okay,
shit,
then.
Jacorn. Okay.
Okay, I'm proud of you, boy. Good shit.
That
3
ain't me.
months.
That's
Yeah, that
somebody
was from
else
that
shit.
3K. That was from that
Oh,
3K
No,
that I
that was from
made.
someone else. Oh shit. Well, shit.
all
Let me get
right.
this shit.
Well, congrats to that person too. Shit.
Congrats to that story. Who's Zoom user? Who is that? Oh, nigga, show yourself.
They done dropped
They
inside.
say Zoom user.
Oh god, yeah, show yourself. We get mad. Come on.
Come
All
on,
y'all
bitch.
niggas keep sending in my
Yo,
profits. By the way, free signal chat niggas keep sending them profits
Tracy,
because
I
niggas
got a
keep.
question.
Nah, it's just me, nigga.
Oh
Can you
god,
Zoom
pay
user.
for
Oh, okay.
Can you pay for your course with that afterpay shit? Like I paid for another course.
no, I need
Bro
my
said
cash up front. I need
afterpay.
my
Cash
cash
on
up front. Right.
delivery.
I need my cash up front right,
Bro
man. When I
said
do.
afterpay.
Hell no, I need that whole thigh wow.
Gang,
So
Man,
come
you get
on,
the whole
G.
thou wow, man. He just paid them back. They
G,
paying you.
Ain't nothing
G,
wrong with
afterpay,
afterpay, my
G.
nigga.
Cause
Ain't nothing
yo
wrong
pay
with
the
that shit,
afterpay.
my
Now they
nigga.
coming back to take the money back out my account. Shit, nigga.
Oh
Nope.
God.
Nope. No gang, niggas. Go ahead and got them
That
Zell that
nigga
got them
said
pay. I'm finna take
afterpay.
that bitch off WAP too, cause WAP ain't fucking with me, bro. WAP is holding. I got
Don't
$20,000
you taking a
sitting on
course
WAP.
off WAP, nigga?
I'm gonna put it on a different platform. I got $20,000 sitting
Nigga,
on
I'm gonna
WAP,
need to read.
and they
I'm
won't.
gonna need to read. You
Yo,
know,
you
No,
don't know what I
if
had
you
to
still
do to
have
go
the
through this
course, I'm
WAP
not gonna
just to
delete it
get
off
into
there.
the
But I'm gonna
VIP,
okay.
bro.
take it off that motherfucker for people to buy it and like put it on a new
Okay,
platform.
okay. Tight shit, tight
Because
shit.
once again, I got
Hey,
WAP.
Eric, I've been seeing a lot of people use this app called School, Tracy.
I'm about to say that
Yeah,
school.
I will fuck with school. WAP holding $20,000
Yeah,
for me right
I
now,
use
and
school.
I ain't been able
20,000.
20,000, and
It ain't pulling back,
I
damn
ain't
it.
been able to withdraw and got them 2
Nah, that
months.
motherfucker ain't pulling back
I
at all.
know, bro. I was waiting.
That
I
motherfucker ain't
told
pulling back at all.
there
Y'all
go
think
gold
those gonna give
TP
me
Smizzle
2K
Dizzle,
before
baby.
market
TP
close?
It's not
smack,
pulling
TP
back.
smack, TP smack.
She
All
right
right,
there.
I'm taking partials. partials. I'm taking partials. And we're gonna see if we can continue, baby. That's how the fuck you do that, nigga. That's how you do that. Come on, baby. That's how you do that, bitch ass nigga. Keep telling y'all niggas, boy.
Keep telling y'all niggas, boy. You better hold that bitch with niggas go boy. I keep telling y'all niggas, boy. Motherfucking go with this bitch, boy. That's 30-0 start the motherfucking week, bitch ass nigga. Boy, what the fuck I niggas talking about?
Oh God, boy, ain't nobody playing with y'all niggas, boy, and it's for free. Free single chat, niggas. Y'all better quit acting like this shit just some goddamn Instagram shit. But
Bro.
now from here, if she break on top of this, I'm popping another one. You know, yeah. If she
Yeah, I'm
break on
trying
top
to
of
see if
that,
she gonna give me my 2K before
if
market
she break on
close.
top of that gap right there, I'm popping another entry. I'm taking up there to this gap that she induced 50% off of as well. Okay, I'm taking up those odds. Break on, but I do think we're gonna pull back from here. But I mean, but if she breaks, next pull back after that, boy, I'm taking it up there, dog.
Nah, it's
Those
gone.
damn near equal highs
That
we looking at
motherfucker look
right
like
now.
it's finna take off.
I just made me a good $800 on this Monday. I could have made more. I should have got them put a little bit more paper
Let me
on.
look at the
But the
15
only
minute,
reason
bro.
why I didn't not even over leverage, but y'all know I be going crazy on my flips. And the only reason why I didn't really go overly crazy, because remember how I told y'all she had stopped short of 50% of the BPR. That's the only reason why I didn't goddamn go like stupid on that bitch. You see what I'm saying? I really would have entered the clip on that hole, but I should be up like 4-5 racks right now. But I told myself I was gonna chill. Just in case she got them came down there and run that low so I can just pop more entries. I wanted to save some leverage just in case she got them pulled back. But I did. I'm definitely up by 800. I just secured 800. I'm still floating 3, so that's $1,100. You know what I mean? So far, if we get up there, I'll make about 15. That's a good withdrawal.
I ain't gonna lie.
Fit.
I
Woo!
Yeah, that bitch just
Woo!
took off.
Woo!
God damn.
I'm looking for
Kill
4,800.
zone. New York kill zone. That's that New York kill zone.
I'm looking for 4,800, 4,900.
What about my phone? Hey, what up with my phone? I'm in the Nasdaq
I'm
trading
holding
home
on.
loan.
Think they keeping up, they must have lost some
What's the
chromosomes. I
phone?
got bitches in my crib that don't
Don't
want to
wanna
live
be
like
like
Home
home
Alone. I
alone.
was broke as hell, we ain't gourmet ramen noodles. I had to make shit shake. Look gon' come around when you getting paid, but just know that shit fake. Keep my circle smaller than the grape. Don't need niggas in my face. I can't
Hey,
be in a
appreciate you,
room with
brother.
niggas. I start feeling out of place. Take your time, little nigga, go your pace. This shit is
Send
not a
them
race. Niggas
profits
playing
right
way too many
now.
games.
I
Fuck
don't
around
care if
and
you in
got a
the
race.
Discord or
I
free
team my
single
bitch in the
chat. I
passenger
need
seat like, do
all
you
that.
got a race?
I need
Listen,
all
these
that.
niggas so goddamn hard, I know they out of shape. Let's go. I don't got time for playing no games, and I don't got time for messing with hoes. So many cars I got outside, I changed my whips, I can change my clothes. Put the medals on my face, now I can record when you go low. Ballin' on them niggas so them long, I'm mad that I ain't go. That I ain't go pro. Esco boom and be the goat, like tell me something that I don't know. With designer on my sneakers, cost 2,000 for my toes. I be trapping off my phone, I used to trap it out with bows. Look at me now, I'm in that mode, nigga. Like damn, look how far we came. How the fuck these niggas don't got no car, but they still got a chain? All that stupid shit gon' get you killed someday, you gotta change. Finna be in Houston sipping champagne with Johnny Dane. When I say these niggas excel, that mean they extra lane. Money make a bad bitch do whatever, I gotta entertain. I can't let a nigga check me off, this ain't no checker game. I done tuned the whip into a dragon, this bitch been hella flames. Smacking TP, then I repeat. How the fuck I make a tenner for PC? Put a shit on, it fade like a 3D. Baby girl know I'm the shit like a VC. I ain't tryna laugh at Kiki, I'm tryna get me a bag and then leave. Wake up with ice on my neck and then freeze. These niggas pussy as hell, I been peak. I done stabbed me some hundreds 10 feet. Tryna run this shit fast and 10 speed. Ride around and been taking a Bentley. I'ma go anywhere that she send me. Never seen no one like me like Wimby. I'm a trader, bitch, I'm having plenty. I'm a trader just made with your Ricky. Better bring your ass on to the win team. A fuck nigga better bring his ass on to the win team, nigga. Right the fuck nah. If you couldn't tell, I'm the win team, nigga. Me! You know what I mean? So with that being said, if you like what the fuck you just seen on this call, especially if you in this motherfucker for free, or anywhere in between, you know what I mean? Free signals chat, Discord, whatever. If you like what you see, you like how Big Esco Boomin put people in position to win. If you fuck with the motherfucking Joe, talk to him. You just raise him, Joe.
Sko.
That was an accident, bro.
All right, ugly. All right, never mind then, bitch ass nigga.
What
Ugly.
up, Joe?
Anywho, you know what I mean?
Stupid ass.
Look, if you like what you see, you know what I mean? And you want to be able to put people in position to make money, you know what I mean? And you want to make money off of other people making money. I'm spinning back to the IB shit. All you got to do is bring niggas to me. You see how I get niggas paid like this? Now, you want to get paid for bringing niggas to me and I get niggas paid? You want me to do all the hard work and you just eat off of everybody else eating? Then come join the IB squad. Come join the Genesis team, yeah, and bring niggas to me, and I'm gonna get everybody paid. This is free money, and no, don't nobody gotta pay to be in a free singles yet. Tell niggas to fund up with Genesis and bring them over here, and I'm gonna handle the rest. Everybody eats. Everybody eats. Just DM me the word IB with your name and your phone number. I'm gonna get you handled. I'm gonna get you handled. But if you can't see by now, I mean, this is what the fuck is going on at. Every day, we lit. You know what I mean? And I told y'all that bitch is gonna keep that shit pushing. Now tell me gaps don't run the world. Do y'all understand why I only care about gaps and liquidity now? I don't care about nothing else. Y'all ain't seen me draw not one fib. Y'all ain't seen me draw nothing more than boxes and lines, nigga. You know, I just broke this chart down piece by piece, candlestick by candlestick. Let y'all know exactly what's gonna happen from each key area. Come on, man. Come on, man. I don't know what else to say, brother. Or sister. I don't know what else to say. Speechless. This is what we do. All right, with that being
It's
said,
straight
once again,
sauce, bro.
please send me in all profits from today. This will be out. You know what I mean? If you got any questions, comments, concerns, by all means, be a time to ask away. If not, nigga, I'm finna get the fuck up out of here and withdraw something, nigga.
Hey Tracy, man.
This bitch
That's
body.
TP. That's
For the
TP2.
mastermind.
That's
For the
TP2 from
mastermind
the
this
signature
Saturday.
shit. Hold on real quick. What nigga say? What nigga say?
For the mastermind this Saturday.
Mastermind, tap in $10. Come get the sauce.
No, I'm there. I'm there.
There's
So
a mastermind, nigga.
And I'm bringing that, and I'm bringing them foreigns up. Yeah,
This
bring my,
bitch is shooty.
hop out,
that
man.
bitch
Shit.
flying.
Got
Whoa,
in.
whoa!
My question
Got
was,
in.
What you
bro,
made off it?
you gonna be going over like the course
Oh
basically
my
while we're there?
god, bro! I told
How
y'all.
much do we pay for a funded though?
God damn.
I don't promote fundeds. That's on
I ain't
y'all.
gonna lie, I hopped
I'm
in
up
on that
100
month.
on some dog
Just
shit.
Like
put your own
how much
money
do we
in.
have to fund on how much do we have to fund on the broker?
300. This is for free, by the way, for free. Free signal chat, nigga. Free. I'm calling trades like this.
Don't they got them? No, I thought I was tweaking. Don't they got them little 10x accounts and shit on Genesis?
Yeah, they go crazy too. This bitch
Oh
is getting
God,
fucked up,
I'm
boy.
finna probably
Oh, I'm
hit them
so glad I
motherfuckers.
got in.
Oh
Bro,
my
I'm so
what?
god,
glad I
this
got
bitch
in
getting
too,
fucked
bro.
I've been
up,
holding
boy.
that
Yo,
bitch
at
since
this
last night,
candle.
gang.
1% right
Look
now.
at that
Oh
This
candle.
bitch trying to hit
4800
TP for
ping.
Jesus
online money.
Christ,
Yo,
Motherfucking
boy.
I
booming,
read
nigga.
boy. I
Let's go
read
booming
boy
with
when
that
he
price.
when
Let's
he
go
when he
booming in
said
this
put your
bitch.
stop
Clippers.
loss on the 1 minute. I rebought right there.
Smart
That
money.
motherfucker is
I
get
rebought it
that.
for
Tracy,
a
what's good,
$2
Yo,
fuck
joke.
nigga?
I'm up
hey,
$120 right now.
hey,
Hey, throw them
yo,
profits.
This shit
Damn.
going up.
Tracy, what's good,
Play,
fuck
yo,
hey, play
nigga? We
profits.
yo,
Play
outside.
profits, bro. Play profits.
He
Play
bro,
got
profits, bro.
to. He got to.
bro. I use my
I use
profits
my
to get
profits to get some more profits.
some more. Let's go booming, nigga. I use my profits to get some more. I use my profits to get some more. I use my profits to get some more profits. I'm taking out like a
Not like a
rocket.
rocket.
These niggas stuck in the closet. I'm on
I
the way to go make a
make a
deposit.
deposit.
Stay on their head like a bonnet. These niggas know how we rockin'. Bust down the car to my bitch, come and clock it. Bitch, I'm a trader, I know how to pop it. Ayy, the be sniper. Bitch, I'm the shit in it bit like a diaper. Bitch, I'm the shit, bitch, you don't gotta wipe it. I'ma do me and you don't gotta like it. Calling these markets, I feel like a psychic. 6-figure nigga, my car get a swipe. I got a flight in the morning. I'm in the air while you snoring. I told her mama get ready as soon as we land. We hopping right up in the phone.
Lying.
Dressing
Finna
in
up
blue,
the lie.
like Lawrence. Thinking that first get a run, you know that I'm hunting like nigga. The fuck is you going? I got a bag of spit in my pockets be fat, and this bitch like a fucking Samoa. Samoa in my
Tomorrow,
pocket be
I can
fat.
start.
Bitch want this, I'm on that.
That's
Chauffeur, we riding the back. The driver, he ride with a strap. We never go take for tat. Designer, we mix and match. We sending a blitz for sets. This
That
shit
boy
is
Tracy going crazy on that goal, boy.
on a Monday.
in this check. I lost 22,000 under 6 hours, and nigga, I ain't breaking
And
your
we
sweat.
get swag.
Cause I still pussy get wet. Niggas get love me and niggas get hate me, but that's when my mommy gon' give me respect. Niggas be treating that shit like a gamble, my nigga. This shit is not Russian roulette. You know I'm to run up a cushion, so I'm sitting comfy, but I ain't not comfortable yet. I had a bitch try to use me for all of my money. She thought I was dumb in the head. Far from a dummy,
But
I
yeah,
told her
Tracy, we lit, man. We lit Friday. We lit next week.
I'm not talking about all of the moves I'm making. I'm just gonna do it instead. Give me some money and Yeah, I'm treat it like definitely butter, holding little this nigga. bitch You now. catching me doing the spread. I'm definitely holding Broken, I 25. always be playing with shit. The niggas be moving the spread. Shit really look when you do this shit once, little nigga. It's skill when you do it again. Nigga, it's skill when you do it. I use my profits to get some more profits, huh? I'm taking out like a rocket, huh? These niggas stuck in the closet. I'm on the way to go make a deposit. Bitch! Stay on their head like a bonnet. Bitch ass nigga. Know how we rockin'. Bust down the car to my
Quit
bitch, come and
playing with
clock
this
it. Bitch,
shit,
I'm a
boy.
trader, I know how to pop it, huh?
Fucking nigga time out,
Bitch, I'm the
nigga.
shit in it bit like a diaper. Bitch, I'm the shit, bitch, you don't gotta wipe it. I'ma do me and you don't gotta like it. Calling these markets, I feel like a psychic. 6-figure nigga, my car get a swiping. 6-figure nigga, my car get a... This shit too fucking easy, nigga. Can I talk my shit today, or am I sounding too cocky? Can I
Hell
talk my
nah.
shit today, or am I sounding too cocky?
Hell
Fuck
nah.
your shit.
I mean, can I talk my shit today, man? Jesus Christ, boy.
Wait,
Jesus,
Tracy.
TP smashed.
Hello.
Talk your shit, man.
Hello.
Are you are you gonna are you
She's
gonna
supposed to
live
be
stream
hello. Huh?
you gonna live stream the mastermind?
Am I
Like,
gonna
what
live
is it
stream it? That's
saying?
that's an
Yeah.
amazing fucking
That would
idea.
be smart, bro, on your
Yo,
certified
for real.
sniper
Yo,
shit.
$10
That's
for the
amazing,
live stream.
but it's $10.
I'm
You
all
pay
the way
$10
in
for
New
live stream.
York. Like,
Well, yeah, I'm all the way in New York too. Word, I agree with you, yo.
Y'all better
Fact,
get y'all
I'll
ass on a
pay the
flight.
$20 if you live stream that shit.
Yeah,
Y'all better
nah,
get that
y'all want to
rental
pay
and drive
y'all want
with
to pay
it.
y'all want to pay $20 for a live stream.
Fuck yeah.
yeah.
Y'all see,
Oh
y'all
shit.
look that
Y'all
you
make that
look, let
shit
me
free.
Look in the
no
comments. I'll pay 20.
Yeah,
that
like,
look
come on, yo.
y'all know how
Somebody
I
say,
beautiful
live
that
in New
is,
York.
bro.
That ain't nothing but a 6-pack of Heineken.
somebody say I just made 100. I'll pay 20.
Yo, matter of fact, I just made
I just
130.
made
If I
y'all
stop it
niggas
right now, I'm
$20.
at 130. I could definitely give you 30.
Give me 30 ball. Give me
Yo,
30
that's
ball for the live
30%.
stream.
Cash out
That's
that nigga right
30%.
now, man.
Send me that link.
No,
I'll
that's
send
love
you
that
I'll
y'all
send you
Value
that
people. You
Bitcoin
hear
right
these
now.
people?
y'all want to know
Yeah.
what like it's love that y'all would even offer to pay for that live stream. Like
That's what
I
I'm
want
saying.
to tell
You
y'all that
offer
shit,
real
bro. Like
value people,
that
bro.
that's love. I really honestly appreciate that shit, bro. No cap. I don't think I'll charge y'all for a live stream though. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna find. I'll talk to because I'm not somebody else helped me set the shit up. You know what I'm saying? So I got them put the word in niggas' ear to see going about that live stream shit. You feel what I'm saying? If they even want to got them charged, I'm gonna tell them I don't want to charge though, and whatever they say goes. Yeah, I mean, but I wouldn't charge y'all for a live stream, nigga. I just gave y'all this whole thing is live stream on YouTube, nigga. You know what I mean? Like I just gave $1 million worth of sauce. I don't charge for live stream. I charge when you really want to get next to me. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I charge for. So you know what I mean?
Yo, Tracy, I got a question, G. I've been on Genesis, bro, and I've been trying to transfer from my trading account to my main wallet, and it's giving like this weird like error. I'm gonna send you a screenshot. I don't know if you ever got it before. It's like I don't know what the fuck that is. It's like something like I'll show you right now because I've been trying to do that for a minute now. Here, I'll show you.
If it's the same one I got, you're gonna have to hit up support.
Hey, y'all niggas tag me in y'all story, bro. This bitch still got them flying, and I don't see enough niggas that tag me on their story. That's all I ask, bro. Tag a young nigga in the story, bro. This bitch still flying. Tag me in the story. Let me make it nice and pretty for y'all. Let me make the chart nice and pretty for y'all. Hey, let me make the chart nice and pretty for y'all. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do this for y'all right here.
Yeah, it's like an edge
You know
function
what I mean?
return.
Because
I
we
don't know what
bought
the hell
that
that
bitch
is.
down here, my nigga. With the
Run down the wheel.
you feel what I'm saying? This is our risk to reward ratio right here. You feel what I'm saying? And we're floating in this bitch. So go ahead and once again, I'm gonna give niggas another opportunity. Please take a screenshot. Send me your profits to Telegram, whatever the case may be, and please post this shit on your story. Tag your boy in it, and let's keep on spreading the wealth. Don't gatekeep this shit. This shit is free. You know what I mean? Spread the wealth. Tag me. Fingers up, nigga.
You still
And
going live for the baddies
yeah,
the
I
car?
gotta go.
Okay.
Yeah, I had forgot about that shit. I ain't gonna lie to you, I forgot. But yeah, I'm
When
gonna get
is
in the chat
that?
with y'all. I'm gonna get in the chat with y'all and goddamn see what's going on. Cause I gotta tell y'all what the game plan is. Like it ain't gonna be. I'm gonna
Flying.
answer questions and shit. But the whole point, I got a specific game plan with y'all with the baddies. Like it's like I got a very specific game plan on how I'm gonna play it this time versus how I did last year.
How
So I
you
want
get
to
in the
go.
baddies chat?
You gotta be a girl.
Humble Claude, gotta be a girl.
Yeah.
And how
Jaja.
you get in
Hey,
the
shout out
chat
to
after
Mud
that?
Tracy.
You gotta be a girl.
They gotta be a
Niggas,
king's chat, bro. A
I
king's
gotta
niggas,
chat.
DM
Bad
you?
one.
y'all got the whole nah, niggas, y'all'll be okay, nigga.
This a
I'll
male
be
If you wanted
dominated
me to
space.
DM
So
you,
It's
shout
a
out to
male,
Tracy. Yeah,
it's a
this a
male dominated space. The only
yeah.
reason
So
why I'm
shout out to
doing it is
Tracy.
yeah, that's the only reason why I'm doing it. I want to see more women come in this
I'm
bitch.
gonna DM you IB and add me to the baddies chat too. I don't
All
got
right.
Instagram. I'm about to
There shouldn't be
download
no
it.
All you
stealth in
gotta
that,
do
man.
is be a girl. All you gotta do is have a little cut. All you gotta do is have a little coochie. Got your little coochie, some titties on you. You know
All
what I
you
mean? You
gotta
can get
do
up
is
in
have
there.
a little cat.
You know what I mean? I gotta have a look at. You know what I mean? We gotta have a safe space for the women, bro. Half of the girls be on this call and we never even know it because they be scared to talk because niggas like y'all be fucking shit up here. So like
Oh man.
they never want to fucking turn their cameras on and nothing. Y'all go, oh, who that is?
Thirst
Who
niggas.
that is? They always be fucking it up. You know what I mean? So we gotta have a safe space for the women to come in this bitch, bro. And
Hey,
like we
shout
can
out
come
to
in this
you,
bitch
bro.
and do your thing. And it's the same thing as me having a free single chat. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's the same thing. It's just strictly for women. I mean, so. Yeah, I got a little boot camp set up. You know what I mean? Where I got different women coming in that bitch to teach y'all, and I'm gonna
Lil
come in that bitch.
Scott is
Y'all.
We
mad funny.
ready. We ready.
It's gonna be cool. Yeah, niggas stay fucking shit up with the women, bro. That's why they
We
don't never
ready,
go on the
bro.
bitch on mute. You know what I mean? We got nigga. When I ran Baddies Trade too, I had motherfucking goddamn 100, 200 women on calls, bonded on. You know what I mean? They don't give a fuck what the fuck they looking like. They on this bitch to get some sauce. That's how I want it. I mean, I can't talk to no woman on these goddamn calls because there's too many niggas on here that be feeling uncomfortable. So we got to get the women right too, and then eventually, once they start feeling a little bit more comfortable and confident in they trade, maybe they'll want to come back to the niggas chat, come back to the Slayers, or come back to the whatever the case may be. But I'm gonna just get them set up to do their motherfucking things, deals real quick, and then we gonna go from there. I mean, it's more of an intro to Forex thing. You know what I mean, for the women. And I'm gonna give a little bit of sauce and shit. So yeah, that's what we on.
Hey, is it
Now
gonna
the
be on
goal.
Telegram?
It's
Are you
in
gonna have like a whole
Telegram.
separate?
It's in Telegram. Yeah.
Telegram chat. If you just so happen to be in the last baddies chat from last year, yo ass, I should have already deleted the chat because I told you I was gonna delete that bitch yesterday. Y'all better go in that bitch and get that goddamn link and join the new chat because I'm finna delete that old chat.
Yeah, it's in there.
You know what I mean? So yeah, go in that bitch and get the link. Go for the keep on goddamn pushing. We got more gaps to get. You know what I'm saying? Because she continues to break structure. So
She ain't coming back no more.
she's definitely not coming back no more. Now I'm holding everything to get these highs. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like I wasn't confident in it at first. Cause I thought I was looking at her stopping short of that 50 and shit. But now that she's done broke everything, if I would have stayed confident in her going this high without her coming back to get that shit one more time, and what really scared me was silver, but silver hasn't even taken off in the way that gold did. You know what I mean? So they're not even really correlating 100% for real how they supposed to be. But shit, nigga, we gonna ride this wave till we can't no more. On my soul, y'all better be trailing these motherfucking stops and just keeping this shit pushing. This bitch looking real good. Real good. You understand me?
Damn, man.
So that was an amazing trade. Amazing fucking trade. Great way to start the week. Once again, I really hope y'all was paying attention to everything I said, because nigga, I ain't just we broke this bitch down move for move. Move for move. Every single 1 minute move. This bitch did. We broke it down, was able to decipher why the fuck the shit was happening. Even down here when she had broke below the gap. That's the only reason why I stayed on the call, because I knew this was going to happen. How did I know this was going to happen?
Hello?
How did I know this shit was going to
It's
happen?
my computer.
Hey, hold on, man. Hold on.
Beat
Hello?
y'all ass.
No, so yeah, y'all niggas deal. All right, so even when we was got them selling downhill and got them and shit was looking a little bit scary, I knew this bitch was gonna got them. That's why I stayed on the call, because I had a real good chance. I had a real good idea in my head this bitch was gonna got them come back up, right back up. A, because of the fact that we kept inducing that gap I was telling y'all about. We kept inducing it. So like inducement is a major thing. I keep telling y'all that gaps have to get filled. There ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. They have to get filled. So when price be leaving equal highs, and remember how I told you guys about everybody selling right here? And I said, why everybody sells right here, I'ma buy. Didn't I say that? Didn't I say that everybody will sell right here and they'll be happy for a few seconds and then we're gonna go and get their shit? Didn't I say that? I mean, so every single thing that y'all heard me say happened to a T. If this is not precision, if this is not niggas showing you that we actually know the market, we not just buying and selling at random levels. We actually have cause and effect as to why price should be doing what the fuck it's doing. And as long as you know the why to price action, you gonna have a real good time making some money in this bitch. It's simple. You know what I mean? So we just broke this motherfucker down, bro. She did exactly what we wanted to do. Now she's stopping short of this high, so y'all already know what time it is. She's gonna pull back a little bit, and then we're gonna go obliterate that fucking high. So if she can give us a deep, I would love for her to give us a deep ass pullback right now. Like I would love for her to do some shit like this, like just bring her ass deep back, deep. Cause guess what I'm gonna do? Bye. I would love for her to play games. You know what I'm saying? I would love for her to do it. You know what I mean? But she's leaving a lot of liquidity on the table, bro. We done broke structure from pretty much every single time frame, if you ask me. So, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna say that it's impossible for us to come back down here. I ain't gonna say that because everything is possible, but nigga, it's looking real good for us to go ahead and skate uphill. Yeah, I mean, real good. So I'm definitely holding on positions, trailing stops as we go. And you know what I mean?
Ooh, I got a question. When do you know when to start like moving your stops and stuff? Because I was in a nice little gold trade. I think it was like Thursday, and I think I moved it. I feel like now I moved it too soon. Well, maybe moved it too soon, or like when to take partials. Like I kind of don't know how to do that part to like balance my trade out so I can at least walk away with something. Am I? Is my mic on?
I trail my stop and get out and all that shit based on market structure. You know what I'm saying? So one thing we had bought this bitch down here. I
I was
told you
about
guys
to say, yeah, for highs
I
or
said,
lows getting taken, just watch the reaction of what price does.
watch the reaction. I told you guys once we got to this gap right here, like so boom, we had bought this bitch down here, right? You been boom. And then we got them took this bitch all the way up here. Once she got here and she played a little bitch ass game, that's when I looked at, okay, she's inducing this high. You feel what I'm saying? Maybe she may want to come up this bitch and hit it. You know what I mean? And then like maybe give a bearish reaction, okay, case may be. So when I seen the inducement of this goddamn gap, it made me want to get the fuck out there. See, y'all watch me take off a lot of my positions here. You see what I'm saying? If I didn't do something long. And then I simply waited to see if she was gonna get back on top of the gap or not. I knew she was gonna motherfucking sell off from that bitch. You see what I'm saying? She gave a little bitch ass sell off. But once again, as I kept telling y'all, the second that she breaks structure bullish again, that's another motherfucking entry. And y'all hear me say, Trey, y'all stop and put it down here. Why? Because every single time price runs a low and then reverse, that low that got ran now should be protected. The banks enter down there. They don't want price to come back down and break even. They're gonna protect that low right there. You see what I'm saying? So I'm when I trail my stops, when I'm getting in, when I'm getting out, it's all based on me reacting off of price action. If she's
That
got
makes
them
sense.
showing me, you know what I mean? If she's showing me bearish signs, I'm gonna get the fuck out. If she continues to show me that she's got them bullish, she keeps closing on top of all these bearish gaps, I know I can keep popping. I know I can trail my stop to the last area she just broke. You see what I'm saying? She just broke on top of this gap right here, close on top of it. Guess where I can trail my stop to? Right below that gap. Because she should break it, retest, and keep going, just like how she did. And she never got back below that bitch once she closed on top.
Okay.
So everything is based off of
Yeah, that
reaction
makes
off
sense.
the air.
You better off closing, taking something or closing and
Taking
getting back
something.
in versus holding it too long. That'd be my problem, bro. Should I go and then it'll reverse and I'm just watching the shit reverse. Like,
You can't think
and I ain't
in a
take
trade.
nothing. Up $50, $60 and now I'm negative 12. Like,
You can't be thinking every single trade gonna smack 5 million TPs. You got to
yeah, I
react.
got you. I hear you.
Trading is half predicting, half reacting. You see what I'm saying? So you got to be able to predict what you think price is gonna do and why. You got to be able to react off of what she does while you in the trade. That's what managing the trade is more important than getting in. The
Yeah.
money management is more important than me just
That's the
pressing
part I
the
gotta
button.
master. Yeah, the
You know what I
management.
mean? So like
Okay.
that's why I always be saying, niggas, like if you have trouble holding trades, bro, just take TP1 and get out, bro, and just be happy. You know what I'm saying? Just do it again. Like just do it again, bro. Like just quit worrying about catching these big ass moves, bro. I'd rather be a nigga that can consistently catch 10, 15 pips real quick than be trying my hardest to catch 75 and get stopped out every single time. You understand
Nah,
me?
for sure.
You know what I'm
Makes
saying?
sense.
Like
I'm gonna try
you
that.
got
I'm gonna try that this
you
week.
got to secure your paper. Then as you
Yeah.
start getting more confident in price action, that's when you learn to hold. You know what I mean? But if you're having an easy time getting in profit and you just don't know when to take it, just get the
That's
fuck
me.
out.
That's me.
Okay, just TP1 that bitch, bro. Just TP1 it and then go from there. I promise you,
Nice.
see a lot more consistency. I just gotta goddamn quit thinking that every trade gonna go 5 million pips. I
And
mean,
we can
that's
chop
why,
UJ real
man.
quick, you mind?
Huh?
I said we can chop UJ real quick.
Talk to DJ.
I said we
UJ.
can chop UJ.
UJ. USD.
Like, yeah. Buy. That's very simple right there. Buy that bitch.
That's what I was on. I think I'm
Yeah,
getting analysis paralysis. So that's why I wanted you to kind of.
Yeah, that's the easiest buy in America. A nigga ain't got to do no top down to see that this bitch done goddamn. It was a whole bunch of bearish gaps all the way over here, and she hit the gap right here and it sold off, reacted bearish from it, and then we now close on top of that same area, reacted bearish from, pull back to retest that same motherfucking gap. Y'all see the gap? Y'all see the little gap between two candles right there?
Yes.
Remember I talked y'all earlier about volume imbalances. They hold a weight and price action. She came back to retest that bitch, ran stops from it, and she about to break structure. And she got a fat ass gap right here that needs to get filled, and we stopped short of 50% of it. So price about to get right the fuck there and pretty much probably fill the whole damn thing. You know what I mean? Because we look at the weekly, what it
Spells
laid
an
out
hour.
here,
That's what I was thinking.
a lot of liquidity.
Yeah, we stopped it short of that, huh?
A lot of liquidity. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's super.
Gold just dropped a little.
All right, that what y'all scared or something?
Go just up a little.
It's just a pullback.
Pop your
Oh,
shit.
okay.
Pop it again.
I just told
Pop
y'all
that
what the
bitch
fuck
Yeah,
to
he
do.
just said, yeah, it's a
I just
pullback to
told
go
y'all
back
what to
up.
do. Oh, God, I just told y'all what the fuck to do. I gotta
Wait,
have
I
some.
got one more question.
What? What's up?
You see how when you're like charting up and you're like on the gold chart, you see how it's just like Owanda and Pepperstone?
I don't know. I don't know which one. I've never
Hey,
cared
can
about which one.
you want to know what I did? I went to my broker and just picked the chart that matched my current numbers, the closest. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, because when I be
Yeah.
on trade, okay, it be looking like I'm inducing a gap, and then on trading view, it hits the gap, and I'm like, ugh.
I asked that question and
First of all,
Chat GPT
always
say
go off the trade.
Chat
Owanda is more.
GPT said check what is that on the
Chat
weekend.
GPT say Owanda is more accurate than all the other ones.
Chat
Peppercorn.
GPT. Y'all
Not
niggas
just
don't
meant
know
for as price action, because they be showing different prices. But it say
I just
Oanda
picked
is the
I
most
just picked the
accurate
one
one.
closest to my broker. Which candles look the most similar to mine? Because there was some candles that my chart won't showing, and then I found a chart that showed damn near identical candles to my broker. That's just my 2 cents. Just saying.
For sure that.
Yeah, the one that actually matched my broker.
I popped the entry right there. Instantly improper. Got me fucked up, bitch. Told y'all what the fuck I was gonna do. Y'all in here scared. Boy,
Pop
you know
on the
nothing.
pullback.
Pop on the pool. That bitch instantly.
That's what yeah.
That bitch instantly went dog shit. Look at that. That bitch instantly went dog shit. Bro, this ain't precision, bro. You can't tell me
Every
what it
fucking
is. Y'all
day,
want to
bro.
die. Y'all see me popping on this shit on Instagram and thinking me some different money than what the fuck I'm showing y'all, bitch. This shit easy now. It won't easy at first. Oh my God. But once you get it, boy, Jesus Christ. Like this shit should be illegal in all 52 states. I don't give a fuck. This shit should be illegal, bro.
Nigga said
Oh
52
God.
states.
Niggas is printing too much motherfucking paper, bro. This shit don't make a lick of sense at all. At all. Oh God. It's lit though. It's lit. All right, it's 4:14. You already know the routine with goddamn price. You know what I mean? If y'all got any more questions, now be a time to ask away. While y'all think about those questions, let me give y'all a couple announcements real
All right, I
quick.
got a
First things,
question.
hold on real quick. Let me get these out of the way.
All right, my fault.
First thing first, goddamn, y'all know we got the motherfucking mastermind again coming up this weekend, Charlotte, North Carolina. It's really in Mooresville, North Carolina, which is 30 minutes away from Charlotte. But Charlotte is like obviously the closest major city. But I got this fat ass, like the biggest Airbnb out that motherfucking.
I
Man,
seen
spending
that
like
shit
5
look
racks.
crazy.
Motherfucker, that shit is crazy, but we spent like 5 racks in that bitch, bro. Crazy goddamn, got a lake view. You see what I'm saying? Like beautiful motherfucking house, catering, drinks. You see what I'm saying? We got a nice ass soul food menu cooked up for y'all niggas. You know what I mean? Nice ass little menu. Then once again, I'm be doing a little bit of live teaching that motherfucker, giving y'all some sauce on how I be viewing these goddamn markets, putting y'all in games on the gaps and liquidity and shit. We got special guests. We got broker owners pulling up. You see what I'm saying? We got it's lit. It lit as hell, but we got a lot of goddamn. It's gonna be a lot of sauce, bro. And once again, trading networking event, bro. You know what I mean? So if you're in
How
North
much is
Carolina,
it to get in?
it's $10.
Oh, that's light.
Yeah,
Copy.
you can't motherfucking beat it. You know what I mean? So if you're in North Carolina or surrounding areas, you
It's
know
the
for sure
flight.
it'd be real hard for us to find traders in our cities. You see what I'm saying? But it's not because they're hard to find, it's because we don't go looking for them. You know what I'm saying? So like now we got an opportunity to come and meet fellow
I got
traders
a question though.
and
Why
lead
why
our
somebody
goddamn
Hold
named
on,
community.
let him finish.
Man, hold the fuck on, nigga.
Let him finish.
Okay. What the fuck? Man, all niggas crazy. Anyway, goddamn. Damn, y'all keep making me forget what the fuck I'm about to say. Stop cutting me off, bro. Damn. What the fuck I was saying?
You were saying about traders not knowing about each other because it ain't no events and shit.
Yeah, bro. We don't be knowing where the fuck traders at, bro. So I'm coming to each and every motherfucking goddamn city. You know what I mean? And we're gonna bring all the traders out so y'all can have some trader friends in this bitch. Y'all gonna learn from me personally and all that good shit. You know what I mean? And we popping shits from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Charlotte, North Carolina. And then after that, nigga, you know what I mean? I'm trying to find us a little goddamn club, a little goddamn yeah to go to and go fuck up for the weekend. Trader event, nigga. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to set up some goddamn shit. We go have fun Saturday night. So yeah, you know what I mean? Definitely pop the fuck out. I'll be out there Friday. You know what I mean? So if you went out the way, definitely come holler at me. Next, once again,
How you,
Genesis. What? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's the
where,
questions? What's the
where
question?
you can buy the
What's
ticket at? The ticket online already?
it's in my bio, link in bio, Instagram.
Copy.
Go right. It's the first link you see in my Instagram bio. And y'all see it's also on my story and shit too. If you go check, it's all chats everywhere. Yeah, so that's that. Once again, it's this Saturday coming up. Meet you there. Okay. Um, Genesis chat, free signal chat. You already know what's up. Fund up $300 with this link right here. Hold up. Let me get the link for you guys. If you want to join my free signal chat, all you got to do is fund up with this link right the fuck here. You know what I mean? Fund up at least $300, and then send me a screenshot when you're finished. I'm gonna add you to this free signal chat right here. And as y'all can see, this shit bunking. We already got about 400 people with this motherfucker.
Where you get the screenshot to on Instagram?
Instagram, Telegram, wherever you get this motherfucker, wherever you got this Zoom link from.
I
You know
already
what I mean?
sent
Y'all
my
see,
screenshot. It's there waiting for you, brother.
All right, bet I got you.
What time will you be on tomorrow in the chat?
See, whenever I feel like I kind of drop my Zoom link sporadically now because nigga, I can say that I know niggas that get on the same goddamn same time every single day. But I'm a nigga that takes a trade set up whenever the fuck it presents itself, nigga. Yeah, I mean, I don't gotta be on the same time every single goddamn day. I'm gonna take it whenever the fuck I feel like it. So with that being said, I drop my Zoom links when I'm in a trade, and that may happen in the morning, that could happen in the evening, that could happen at night. You know what I mean? So you gotta keep your eyes out for me. Keep your eyes out. If you in the free signal chat, you ain't gonna see me until next week. But yeah, Genesis niggas once again, funnel 300 with that link. See me screenshot what you finish. You in the course, $1,000. Teach you everything I know right here, beginning to advance. We just everything you just seen me goddamn do on this chart is in the course, broken down from beginning to goddamn advance. $1,000 gives you whole play. DM the word course. You can get up in that bitch. You want access to the Discord, GJ Slay's Discord, me, KJ Don, getting all of our free signals. I mean, getting all of our signals and live trading sessions and all that good shit. 125 a month. DM me the word motherfucking Discord. I'll get you up in that motherfucker. I seen the link. In one-on-one mentorship. I'm getting a lot of goddamn questions about one-on-one mentorship. This month's mentorship is closed the fuck off. You won't see me talk about mentorship again until when like June gets here. Yeah, I mean, if you want to secure your slot now, I mean, I ain't mad at you, but just know that we ain't gonna start teaching until next goddamn month. You can get access to the course, and you can get access to, you know what I mean, the Discord and all that good shit now. You see what I'm saying? But we ain't gonna start the mentorship until next month. So you'll see me start talking about more of that when the June mentorship gets here. But yeah, it's 2 racks for everybody's been DMing me about this shit. All right, what's the 154? I need to move that motherfucking link. It's a link and then that's 125. That's what you need to be in. I'm gonna send y'all the link.
Nigga, I have another question.
What's up, Jaquan?
Can you look at USD for me right quick, please?
Well, how's you trading that weak ass shit?
I know I'm just trying to see if this analysis playing out right. It's not like I'm actually trading it, but I'm trying to see if an analysis is playing correct based on what I know.
What happened to Jay? I don't know. Ask KJ.
4-hour buys is what I'm looking at.
I don't know what the fuck happened to that nigga. One day he was here, the next day I ain't heard from him no more. I fuck with Jay though. I don't got no problem with Jay at all. I just don't know why the fuck he ain't in the Discord no. I gotta ask KJ that.
You can hear me?
What?
I sent you a screenshot on Telegram to get added to the free signals group. Bennett Allers.
This is
Hey,
about.
what's this?
You see that
125
dual
for
volume
the
imbalance?
This is
to pay
about.
pay for signals, right? 125.
Yeah.
And that's the link in your Instagram
And
bio,
then you
right?
see the volume imbalance that we made right there that we're
I
respecting
need
right now.
one person to talk, please.
My fault.
Please. Come on, talk to me, Jaquan.
But basically, I was looking at the current volume imbalance that's below price and how we're respecting it. We did sweep that liquidity for that low, which I was thinking that we was gonna reverse there, but how it closed on them candles, I was like, okay, that's the buy. And then we inversed that fair value gap with that last current kind of closure on the 1 hour. I was like, okay, if price truly is bullish, how I say it is, it should not pull back anymore to these lows, to them equal lows. It could go and get those equal lows that it just left, but I just feel like that's not very likely right now because of where price is sitting at. Then we have clean equal highs. We have a gap up there at 780.020 that needs to be filled. We have more gaps that we just been inducing this whole time. And price left equal highs, stopping short of another bearish gap, which I think, no, it's not a BPI, but it stopped short of that bearish gap that's sitting at 760.
Yep.
I mean, yeah, I think that's where it is.
Yep.
Yeah, 960.
I was gonna break it down the same way. You brought it. I only got nothing else to say. Perfect analysis. Buy it. You should buy it on this pullback right here.
Say no more.
Good work. Good work. Y'all got some mouths on y'all, but y'all niggas know how to talk, boy. I'm telling you. Y'all niggas got some fucking motor mouths, boy. My mama, boy. Word up. I'm finna get up off this motherfucker. Everybody else, anybody else, y'all know what to do. Y'all know where to find me. Get in the goddamn signal chat. Get where you need to get at, nigga. Come get this motherfucking paper. I might call him Nas, boy. I might call the Nas vibe. She just swept all these lows, got deeper inside this gap, left all these equal highs up here shitting me. Shitting the fuck
I've been
me.
fucking looking for Nas bars.
That nigga, that bitch ain't run on stops, broke structure. Just
I've
pulled
been
back and
catching
stopped
that bitch
gaps.
all last week.
Ran all these motherfucking lows right here and just broke up again. Like I want, man, shitting me.
Mm-hmm.
I'll fuck around again and come clean these highs right here at the end of the day.
That's why I'm
This
waiting
not a
for
4-hour
Asia.
CRT too.
Yeah.
Damn Skippy is. I'm finna give me a piece of this.
Bro, I'm waiting for them 4 hours. I'm waiting for that Asia, bro. When the Asia session come, bro, it's over with, bro. And then we got news Tuesday through Thursday.
Man, sold out on you. Shitting me. I'm finna got shitting me. Shitting me like a.
Is CPI on a Tuesday?
Yep.
Has that ever happened? It probably has.
Yeah, fuck 12.
The nigga said fuck 12. I ain't gonna lie. One of my uncles did that shit at a block party we had, bro, and got arrested. He said that shit over a loud ass speaker.
Stupid.
Yeah, they hate that shit.
They pulled up fast as hell. I swear to God. They maced
Yeah,
this
so
shit in the
I'm in
hospital.
that Nas bar right now. I just
I
bought
already
that.
know.
I just bought
I'm
that
in
shit
ice
at
too.
You gotta wait
my stop
for
loss.
market to
My stop
reopen.
loss is below this low. I'm actually called to buy and just hope this shit go. This is like I ain't gonna say it's a gamble trade, but nigga, we're expecting one of those gap. We're expecting the gap up off this right here. I think she's gonna come back and respect like 50% of what she just created on the way up here. Make right respect 50% of it. They gotta keep that shit pushing. I really like that pullback. I really like where she stopped at. Like I really like that. I really like that.
You know, going from the 1 hour. Is that a gap? Would you consider that a gap?
All the way down here. No gap over here. But yeah, everything's looking good. 2 hour. We just ran the previous 2 hour low, previous 1 hour low. This is 30-minute. What's down on 30s? Let me see this right here. We even came back. They got that look. We even came back. They got that little 30-minute gap right here. Yeah, I'm fucking with that. I'm in that. I'm in that, brother, man. I'm finna call it too.
Me too. Fuck it. Risk it for the biscuit.
I'm telling y'all about that bitch. That shit's finna go to all time highs again. I've
Every
been
day.
catching this shit since literally like 2 weeks ago. I've been catching this shit. Buys on Nas. Pull back, buy. Pull back, buy.
Nas is the easiest thing to buy right now.
Pull back Asia session.
That's what I'm waiting for Asia. God, I'm finna buy that bitch.
Oh, I thought it only moved in New
I'm gonna
York.
make about 2K. And then
It
shit.
pulls back in Asia session, then new time highs every New York session.
Yeah, Tay put me onto that shit Friday. Shout out Tay.
I don't think she's gonna come back to this low. We should be good.
I only need $200 more, I think, on this motherfucking funded. And then that's a payout. I'm gonna request that bitch today if I can.
That boy said today.
Today, right now, today.
That boy ain't playing.
Hey Tracy, what was that thing you was telling me about the brokers between 5 and 6 p.m. with the brokers manipulation or something when we holding trades?
They raise the spread between 5 and 6, but Genesis don't do that.
Oh, shout out Genesis.
Yeah. Yeah, Genesis don't do that. But a lot like Hanko does that shit a lot. Like Hank, I fucking hate Hanko.
Yeah, I don't use Hanko no more.
Hanko does that
Yeah,
shit.
I can't. Hell no.
Fucking liquid brokers,
man.
Boy, I haven't touched a
I
live
got off
account
as
since
soon as I logged in with them damn near.
since I took
Nah, I
that
just took off.
2.5K withdrawal off their ass. I stopped touching ankle. I'm not gonna lie to you. They gave me hell, gang. Even with me
over
holding
your
that.
withdrawal?
Bruh, they was holding my money for like 2 days, gang. I had to sit with it, support, bruh. Then they took, the regular chat support can't actually help with those type of inquiries. So they sent it to the higher team. I had to wait. And I'm like, bruh, hell no, bruh.
Just
Ain't
give
no
me
other
my
broker.
money.
Oh God. And that's why I'm like, bruh, when I get this payout, today or sometime this week, whenever it fucking happens. I can only make like 1,500 on the account, but shit, I already made
You
damn
be
near that.
using your fundeds to get you like to fund up live shit? Or
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Did y'all pop that
Yes.
motherfucking buy?
I did.
I'm waiting for it. I gotta wait for Asia, bro.
Yeah, I'm
I
closed
gotta
out.
wait for 5 o'clock, bro.
Instantly
I popped
profit,
it.
nigga.
It broke that.
Instantly profit.
It broke that 1 minute bearish gap. So I fuck it.
Good shit, y'all.
YOLO.
And that's the only thing I really been trading. I fuck with gold if I see some good ass liquidity sweep or something though.
And gold be bullying me.
Nas been fucking paying me, bro.
Gold be bullying me, bro. Woo.
Boy, this bitch.
Especially
I like Nas. Shout out Tatum Maven, bro. He put me on Friday. He's like, you need to check out Nas twin. I was like, all right.
It sounds just like that.
Y'all had Tatum Maven in here?
That's my camera.
I met him through Tracy. That's his
cameraman.
boy / cameraman. But that's his homie too.
My dog too though.
Tight shit.
Yeah.
This bitch busting, bro. I'm instantly
Bro,
up to
it is. Shout out.
Bro, that's
Hey,
how you snipe, bro. I
appreciate
swear
you.
to God, I'm such a dog, bro. Y'all niggas
Appreciate
ain't
the
All time
signal.
highs on the way, gang.
that shit easy money, bro. I just sniped the fuck out that bitch. Let me
Hold that bitch, gang. Actually,
I'm holding.
I don't even know what Tuesday and Wednesday gonna bring, but I think it's just gonna be more buys.
She is taking off like a rocket
Telling you.
before market closed.
I was looking for this shit since
Shit
last
just
week.
going up and up and up, bro.
I was looking for
Who's in the trade, bro? Why I don't got enough energy, bro? Who's in this bitch? We just
I'm
sniped
in
this
it,
motherfucker
Tracy.
again.
I'm in it, bro.
Fuck wrong with y'all niggas?
that shit busting, gang.
I'm in it too.
Shit busting.
Fuck is y'all niggas talking
They
about,
quiet.
boy? That's two trades in one session, nigga.
Y'all might get me put some shit
And we
on.
just broke structure again, boy. Murder she
I
wrote.
did
Bye-bye.
twice. Yeah.
You just broke structure again. Bye-bye.
Y'all might need to put a little something on Genesis,
She
bro.
about to give it. Free signal chat, niggas. Y'all know what time it is. Send it again. Right the fuck now. TP1 finna smack.
Yeah.
Say Trace.
TP1 finna smack. Oh my god.
Say Trace. Hey, does it ever matter to you when the feds inject money in the market and shit?
I am the feds.
That
Type
nigga
shit.
care about
I am the
gaps and
feds.
liquidity.
I'm just asking because they're supposed to
I am the
inject
feds.
73 billion tomorrow, like
We'll see
mostly
about
into the
that. And
crypto. So
I'll
I
be
was
in
just
these
trying to see
knives.
if that
And
matter.
I'll be in these knives buys when that happens too. No game. We'll see about that. You gotta remember,
No, it's a 30K this week.
I trade like the banks, bro. So you want to know what's very significant about what you're saying, bro? Like when it comes to the feds doing shit like that, bro, price action will always line up to show you what's gonna happen before it happens. If say the feds plan on throwing what how much money, 70 billion, whatever the fuck, if they plan on throwing that much money inside the goddamn market, you can bet your ass that right before that happens, price gonna run stops and then turn around. You can bet your
They doing
ass.
that for them.
It's bro, you gotta remember they inside trade, my nigga. I know how they inside trade. I done figured out how they inside. I done figured out the inside trade side. Nigga. It's over with now.
What's up with
Every
Ian,
single
man?
time Price
That
try
look
to do some
weird as
stupid
hell.
shit. Every single time Price try to do some stupid shit, the
What's up
Fed
with
try to do
Ian, man?
something, or Trump try to do something, you can best believe him be in the market before that shit happens, because Price always snitches on himself. Always. Oh, gang. It never
Hey, man, look
fails.
at your boy Ian.
That nigga sleep.
Who?
Showing
Your
his
boy
tummy.
Ian.
He sleep, man.
Nigga been
Let me
asleep the
find
whole
him. Hold on,
call.
where he at? Oh, that
Nigga
bitch
looking like Homer
Ian.
Simpson.
Oh, that bitch Ian showing that stomach. That bitch showing
Hey,
that
you don't wake your ass up.
stomach.
I seen
He
that bit
rubbing
about an
that bitch
hour
skinny.
ago.
Leaving paper on
Hey,
the
TP1 smack, don't Nas. TP1 smack. TP1 smack. TP1 smack.
Wait, Tracy, I got another question.
What?
More so like opinion, because I was trading like the funded accounts, but then I stopped. Now I'm just doing live. Like when it comes to like taxes, like what's your take on that? Like individual, like paying by yourself or going under a business name?
Business before.
Business.
Yeah, you gotta get an LLC.
Do you feel like you need to make a certain amount first for that?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
You don't have to
That's a
worry
great
about
question.
taxes. You don't have to worry about taxes for real until you
That's
make
a
like
really good question.
like I think it's 12,000 a year.
That's what you
Before
had
you gotta
told me.
worry
Yeah,
about
12
taxes. You know what I'm
bands.
saying? Once you make over 12K, that's when you start getting them 1099s and shit. You gotta start filling them hoes out. Goddamn. Now, once again,
Y'all niggas gonna see gold.
Hold on,
Yeah,
bro.
gold is
Hold
flying.
on, hold on.
Wait, hold on. I'm
I'm
trying to
still
listen to
holding
him.
gold too. I'm still holding gold too. God damn!
This bitch about to hit TP for our life.
Y'all niggas.
Ooh, God.
Make back my little shit I lost last night.
I'm up $1,000. I'm already
Tracy, you
TP.
goaded.
I know. Thank you.
I know.
Nigga said I knew.
Tracy funny, bro.
At some point, I gotta toot my own horn, bro. I let y'all turn. I try to play the humble card all the time, bitch. I say it every card. I'm gonna say it again. This shit is not normal. It's not normal, nigga. This is the biggest financial market on earth, and I know this shit like the back of my hand. I'm trying to teach y'all how to know it like the back of your hand. This knowledge the nigga got, I swear to God, my mama niggas will pay me $1 million for this knowledge, nigga. Do you understand me? Like, nigga, this shit is not normal. Imagine if Elon Musk knew who I was, nigga. I guarantee you, I teach that nigga how to trade. Oh my God, you can't put me in a room with nobody that I don't think I can add value with now. That's that, and I think that's the most important shit to anybody. I can sit in a room with Barack Obama right now. I can sit in a room with anybody, and I guarantee you I can add value to that motherfucking table, nigga, because of the shit I know. I guarantee you I know something that somebody else don't. I guarantee it. This shit is not normal. It's not normal. It's not normal, bro. I don't give a
Hell
fuck
yeah.
how you try to play it, nigga. And I told y'all on this next pullback right here, that bitch is gonna get the fuck up out of here, didn't it? Didn't I say that? Didn't I say that? Gaps liquidity, my nigga. That's all you need. Nice. Come on, TP1 just got smacked. And we're gonna see if this bitch gonna break on top of this little gap right here, which I think she is. She should. She gonna it's a little BPR right here.
Yeah.
She gonna break right on time. Once she break that, equal high smash, all that good shit smash. The bitch just did the same thing again, running the low, and then turn around. Same thing she did right here, running these lows, then turn around.
That should
Oh,
be
man.
crazy.
You want to know why the mentor shit costs so motherfucker? I'm finna raise the price again. Y'all take it too long.
Bro, don't do that, bro.
Y'all take it too long. Y'all take it too long.
I'm bringing my
Don't,
$2
Don't
to
do that, bro.
NC. Don't do
take
that.
it too
Don't do
long.
that.
Y'all take it too motherfucking long. I'm
Don't
finna
do
raise the
that, bro.
price again.
Bro,
You
you
can't
said
you can't you can't
Now,
just get
what
mad at
y'all
me if I
do, you
do.
take the free signals, make money, and then buy the course. That's what
yeah,
you.
that's smart.
That's
Joe,
Yeah,
the
that's
that's
what I'm
that's
smart.
the
doing right
Yeah,
recipe.
now.
but fuck the course. That's the
100.
Yeah, yeah.
because he's gonna have
Or the
to do
mentorship, but you
everything I
use the
know.
free signals to make
I'm
the
finna
money.
raise the motherfucking goddamn price. Y'all take it too long. Y'all need to come learn this shit the fuck now, nigga. Quit acting like y'all nigga. What the fuck? Who do y'all know? Like, keep it all the way gangster with, bro. Who the fuck y'all know really on the calls calling shit like this? Name one
Nobody.
name one nigga you've ever traded with in the history of your life that break the shit down like me and is this precise, time and all. Who
Alex
the fuck
Gonzalez.
you
Let's
can't?
go.
Yeah, right.
He said he made 15 mil off selling
Yeah,
courses,
right.
bro.
Alex,
Yeah,
Let's
who?
go.
Get
yeah,
out of
right.
here,
Alex
man.
And that,
Gonzalez.
yeah, right.
FX Alex.
Fuck out of
Get
here.
his ass out of here. That nigga is a
Fuck out of
cat.
here.
Yeah, he
Fuck
said he
out of
make
here.
his
Heard
bread
it.
off selling courses,
This
bro.
nigga going name Instagram gurus
Yeah,
over
He's a
you gonna
cat.
game guru
I've
niggas
been
No,
on
over
one of
chill,
his
chill, chill.
labs
Chill, chill,
before,
chill.
What's your
but I
favorite?
didn't
What's your
under. I don't
favorite?
Fish
know.
baiting.
What's your
He
favorite
was
buzz
super
B name?
super technical with stuff. Like I didn't understand. This was still my earlier like beginning days of trading, but he was like too big wordy, and I'm like, well,
See,
dang, what are you talking about?
that's
You
why I
got to
like
dumb it down
Tracy.
a little
He
bit
dumbed
for
the
some.
shit down for
Yeah.
niggas.
Oh my God.
What's
Yeah,
your
ain't
real quick?
nobody that can make this shit this goddamn simple, bro, and still be this precise.
What you think
Bro,
about
and
FX?
no indicator. Like it's a straight
No
price
indicator.
action. Like
Nah, yeah, you really
Nothing
good
more,
at yeah.
nothing less,
No
nigga.
indicators. You really lit.
Nothing. You know what I mean? I don't need no indicator. Price is the indicator, bro. You'll never
Ooh.
need an indicator. The second you focus on indicators, you focus on the wrong thing. You're
bro,
not looking for
even
what's important.
your free calls and stuff, like that's all you really need because you will really be spitting
Yeah,
sauce
bro. People
like
can get
that
game from
ass.
that
Like
shit. They just need to watch your YouTube preview playbacks. That's all.
what? All of it.
Bro, the first flip I did is because I joined a Zoom call on a Sunday.
I'm a one-on-one
Bro,
mentee, and I still watch his recorded shit just to pick up stuff that might not have been on a previous call. You feel me? So
whoa,
Yes.
I
whoa
highly
now.
recommend that for any of y'all that's trying to learn for real. Like even his old Instagram breakdowns, like them shits be having sauce in them. You just got to do the work.
This shit sauce, bro. I'm
Like
trying to
I
be the
just
one
gotta
nigga in
put
the
the work
trading
in.
community that can come in this bitch and show niggas this shit is not as hard. They try to hide this shit from us, my nigga. That's why can't
Oh,
nobody
yeah.
get rich off of it because they make it hard. They put all this
Oh, yeah.
information out here and say get it for yourself, and they make it
Mm-hmm.
hard
Oh,
for
yeah.
you, nigga. They make it confusing for you, nigga. I'm gonna be the nigga to show everybody, nigga, especially black people and all the minorities, nigga. We got
That's
it.
love.
We
That's
got it,
love.
my nigga. On game, we
That's
got it,
love.
nigga. That's why I keep saying we are the new Black Wall Street, boy. It's a lot different than just some Instagram trying to go viral shit, bitch. I got a goal, a mission, and I'm gonna change the
Facts.
whole United States with this shit if I can, my nigga. No cap. Game.
Yo,
This
bro.
shit. What's up? What's up? Any more questions?
So look, I bought.
Huh?
So look, this my little journey when it came to like trading and shit, right? You know who Q Banks is, right? I'm pretty sure you know.
Yeah, yeah, I know Q Banks.
Everybody know
He
Q
follow
Banks.
me. All
I
you niggas know
bought
who I am.
I
Oh man.
bought Q Banks course, Swaggy C's course. I
Whack.
bought Andre's live mentorship. Will you
Whack.
be the last course that I get, gang?
Somebody else asking. Somebody else answer that for me. He
Bro,
said,
get that shit, bro.
he said, is
Just
my
get
course
it.
going?
Just
Is
get it.
Saying,
it's
nigga,
he
you
said,
gonna
is
be
my
at
Hell
course
yeah.
going to be
$5K
the
by the
last
end of
course
the
he
Just
month.
ever
get it.
buy?
How's it gonna be
Your
all this on
yours the
course?
last. Yours is the last.
Yeah.
Course
He
to
I
got
pay
don't
to
got the
for
come
is
in
hours to
all
$200.
the
answer
way
that
from
question, my nigga.
Chicago.
Man,
I'm
call him
finna
a
take the
course
11-hour drive this weekend.
Just to come see a young nigga, which is love. I appreciate that.
Hey,
Nigga,
I,
will this
I
be
I
the
I made
last
that drive
course?
to the GJ Slayer 6 hours from Atlanta to goddamn Florida, man. Hey, shit, we could do it.
Nigga,
Hard. See?
if I can make over 140K with unemployed gang in 3 fucking months, gang, on
God
proper
damn.
energy, your ass can fucking make this shit work, gang.
You hear all
Facts.
these testimonials, nigga. I'm not even saying the
I
word.
just
That's what the
made, I
course is.
literally just passed another 400K, nigga, and passed that shit in like 3 hours.
Damn.
Made 60,000 in like 3 hours.
Live?
Gee, live? No, not live, but
God.
this is a demo. It's funded,
Congratulations.
funded, funded, funded,
Yeah, man.
funded,
Congrats
Funded,
on
funded,
yeah.
that,
part
bro.
firm,
See,
part
my
firm.
problem is, bro, I can pass funded evals easily, gang. And
You
then
just gotta be consistent, nigga.
I get to blowing them shits.
Do the
Listen,
same shit.
Here's the thing about the course, bro. Here's the thing about the course. The course has, if you ask me, and obviously you just heard all the testimonials, nigga. If you there's nothing in that course that you don't like. Every single thing in that course is what you need and the only thing you need to succeed, price action wise. But I
Mm.
can give every single person on this call that course, and yet only a quarter of y'all gonna get rich off of it. Why? Discipline, consistency. That's what matters. The information is the information. You see what I'm saying? Are you gonna take this shit and run with it and have discipline in what the fuck you got them doing? As long as you
I know how
do
to
that. But
apply
look
that
on, what's
shit.
up, wifey? I see your wifey. Oh
She
dang, I
said,
see
hey,
your wifey.
yeah.
So, but yeah, bro, the information that shit is there. If you got discipline, you'll be rich next
We
month.
live trading.
And you think I'm motherfucking playing? I'm dead ass because we got the results to prove that it's happened multiple times.
That's
You
what
know
I
what
want
I'm
for
saying?
myself.
You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
How does the
Multiple times.
goddamn job?
Oh, yeah.
So the information is there.
Bro, I'll
That
take
course is
okay.
everything you need to
Love
succeed,
you.
nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
It's this shit right here broken down.
you don't
But
do
once
no.
again, it don't matter how it don't matter how easy the sauce is, nigga. If you don't got no
Mhm.
discipline, nigga, your ass is grass regardless.
Facts.
So you know what I'm saying?
How do
I'll
you
just put that in
structure
there.
your mentorship?
Yeah.
I do it every single motherfucking month. So I do a month-long mentorship. I also got a 6-month package, which you know what I mean. If you want to tap in with that, just holler at me. But most people do the 1 month shit. You see what I'm saying? For 2K, that includes lifetime access to my goddamn Discord for live trade sessions and signals. So you're gonna be locked in with me until I quit this shit, which ain't no time soon. You know what I mean? You're gonna get a free copy of my course, free copy of my ebook. You see what I'm saying? You're pretty much getting everything I got to offer. You're gonna get unlimited one-on-ones with me within the time that you pay for. So if you got 30, you get one-on-one mentorship, book as many one-on-ones as you need within 30 days. You get 6 months, book how many as you need within 6 months. You see what I'm saying? And then as far as the teaching goes, you're gonna get a little inner circle with all the motherfucking people that join the one-on-one mentorship. And we're gonna be running 3 calls a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, going through everything from beginning to advanced. So
Now,
And
one,
what time are those calls usually?
usually around 8:30. It just depends on
In the
majority.
morning?
No PM.
Okay.
It just depends on majority schedule. Like I'm the free nigga, so I'll come in the chat and be like, hey, when y'all free? Most niggas will say sometime in the evening, so we usually go like 8:30.
All right. I
and
might.
after the mentorship, brother, let's say I get the 1 month shit. If niggas got questions or they want to reach out to you, like, how do you go about that? Like, is this strictly cut off or like you got about another, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, once again, you'll be on my Zoom. You got lifetime access to Discord, so you're not cut off at all. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? If you need, always holler at me. You know what I'm saying? Like
So what
we
happened?
talk about.
My bad.
What's up?
What happens if I get in the 1 month, and I want the 6 month? Will you adjust the price for the 6 month?
Yeah, we'll talk about it if you want to do that.
All right. That might, because I got to get a knee replacement. So I'm going to be home for at least the next 6 months.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's time for
Oh, that nigga.
Hey, look.
That nigga finna get rich and
I
so I
hope
say,
you
damn,
have a
nigga.
speedy recovery, man.
He talking about
Yeah,
some
thank you.
hell, bro. Nah, but
My
here's the
nigga,
thing about
you don't know how
shit like
bad this
that
is
though.
gonna
Here's what I
be,
be
yo.
telling niggas, bro. Blessings come in disguise. You know what I'm saying? Blessings come in the form of tragedy. The fact that you have to sit down for 6 months could be the life changing shit that you need. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? Blessings
Yeah,
come in
but
the form of tragedy.
So
Here's some fun.
not
Right.
not to talk too much, but like this one, because I've already had a knee replacement, I got to get a hinge replacement. It might retire me because I already got 27 years at Verizon.
shit.
Are you
Like
good?
I'm a, like Tracy, like no cap, not trying to disrespect you. Like the son I would have had in high school would be your age.
Word.
Replace the whole nigga at this point.
Understood. Look, man, now it's time. Look, like I said,
Shut up.
now it'll be time for you to lock the fuck in. You know what I'm saying? Like once again, like, I don't mean to sound repetitive or anything like that, but I truly believe that things
Yo,
be
Ian,
happening for
wake
a reason.
up.
You know what I'm saying? Everything happens for a motherfucking reason. You know what I'm saying? So the fact this shit is happening and you got this goddamn big ass life changing situation that could potentially be going on, it's either we sit here and we be sad about it or we goddamn run up this goddamn bag with it.
Exactly.
You know what
Hell
I'm
yeah,
saying?
That's
hell yeah.
that's what I'm thinking. I'm just gonna put more time into that and my edibles business.
Everything,
Edibles
every single
business.
shit, every
Yeah, I
single
do that. If
I
I
just
ever
put
come to
100
North
on
Carolina
Genesis.
and I drive, I'll bring you some, Jerry.
I don't do edibles, bruh.
Oh man, my shit is fire. I
Bro,
got
that's just too
everybody in
strong,
Queens
bro.
on the dark side, bro.
You make animal treats?
Nah.
Oh, I heard dog side. I don't know what you said.
He ain't locked in like that.
Oh, okay,
I
it's good. It's
was
good.
about to be like dogs, weed. That shit
Nah,
happened with
nah.
my.
So in my dispensary, we have like pet treats, and it doesn't get them high. It's to calm them down.
Relax their ass.
Yeah,
Hell
it's to
yeah.
Yeah,
calm
I
them
need some for
down.
my
Or like
fucking
I had a
dog.
lady last week come in, her
Yeah, I'm
dog
gonna
got
look into
cancer,
that.
so she bought some of the cannabis dog treats for her dog with cancer.
I'm
And
gonna look into that
yeah,
because my nephew has a Rottweiler puppy, and
that's
the
hyper.
Rottweiler it
Yeah,
acts just like my nephew, and my nephew has ADHD.
yeah.
That's
Get
one of the
them.
main reasons I got into edibles.
Yeah, that's all they need. One of them dog treats. Calm his ass down.
So Tracy, I got a question for you, fam.
Mark, about to close.
Holding everything through market close.
Okay, I'm holding it too. Cool. Fuck it.
We're
We
gonna
turn.
see if we can, we're gonna see if we can gap up. I like how gold market structure is looking prior to the
I
close.
just put 100 in
Close,
Genesis, so I'm finna shit.
close on top of this motherfucking
Ooh,
gap right
yeah,
here.
that
Ran
gap is
more
crazy.
stops. Ran more stops right here. Broke structure bullish again. So if she closes inside this gap right here, we should.
Yo, Tracy.
What gap you talking about?
Ran another low. Broke structure bullish again. If we close somewhere down here, anywhere here, we should gap up off the open. You see what I'm saying? So I'm holding everything, and nigga, fuck it, nigga. It's either we win or we don't, bitch. Oh god, but we already done smack TP, so nigga, ain't no lose situation anyway.
Hey, how do you predict the market to gap up?
Bro, what?
Millie, get the fuck. Hey, hold up.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, I missed it.
No, get the fuck out of here.
Oh, it's familiar.
It's over with familiar.
That bitch just motherfucker
GG's,
came on
Millie.
here, bro, and drunk coffee out of the shit, gang.
GG's, Millie.
That bitch just drunk coffee. She finna be lit as hell.
She gotta be hyper as a bitch.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh,
you
she
need
finna have the
the dog
BGs.
choose. You need the
She
damn
finna have
dog.
the BGs.
Hey,
Put her
hey,
ass in that crate.
hey, Tracy, can you look at GJ real quick?
Hell no.
It's dropping.
Look at
Damn, nigga.
Oh god.
Cause I'm in I just called a trade for that bitch.
Who you think you is?
That nigga think he KJ.
Oh
Nigga,
god. Who you think?
I'm a
Who you
broke
think he
ass
is? Talking
nigga
about I
trying
just
to
called
make
a
money,
trade. Who
man.
the hell you think you is, nigga?
Yo,
That
I
nigga
feel
think
you,
he
sir.
Broke
That's a
KJ.
ass
good
nigga
answer.
trying to make
He's
some
talking about
money,
broke
man.
ass
Oh,
nigga
that
just
boy,
trying to
that boy
make
trying to
money.
get some signal. That boy trying to make some signal chat money.
I
Ain't he?
already
That nigga said,
turned. I
hey,
turned
somebody take
300
this
to
trade right
800 right
quick.
now. So
He said he made 300 to what?
300 to 800. So now
Okay.
I'm trying to flip this bitch to 2 million. God damn it!
I ain't
Oh,
gonna lie.
That shit over with. That
Okay,
shit over
buddy.
with.
I want an orange car too, nigga.
Okay, buddy.
You know, my
what
shit's
are you
blue. Hey,
doing?
my
He got
SRT get wrapped this week, boy. It's over with.
Nigga, what a vet?
I got an I8 bitches outside.
I mean, I ain't not the
That's
bitch. It don't
outside.
matter.
You ain't been paying attention. I've been got that back.
that was
We
last
been
week.
outside. We
That
got
was
that bitch. We
last
outside.
week.
Hey, one thing I really peeped is how much people know I got that car, bro. Everywhere I go, People be pulling me like, boy, ain't you trying to boy? I'll be like, God, that shit crazy, boy. Now when I get SRT rap, I ain't gonna be able to go nowhere.
Yeah, because
I mean, but shit, nigga, fuck it.
Keep your head on the swivel, dog.
You ain't fire on me at all times. But y'all niggas pray y'all gonna die today. And I'm gonna get off.
That security nigga you got, shit, shout out to him. Hey, cut y'all TV off.
Oh God.
She was asking, how do you know about it gapping up or some shit?
I say what the market structure look like before it closed. Simple.
That's what I think.
I said, man, cut y'all TV off.
Thanks, Jerv.
Simple. If the market looks like it's about to buy, then it's gonna gap up. Like it's all, I mean, same thing as if the market was open. Whatever the market structure looks like prior to goddamn, you know what I mean? Simple.
Yeah, I'm thinking that bitch going all the way to 210.
Nah, it's definitely gonna gap up because it's like 2 hour and 1 hour CRTs and shit pop up. This bitch definitely gonna gap up. I just want gold to do the same. Let me see what gold looking like before it closes. If she closed down here inside this gap like how she doing, bro, I can damn near bet every dollar I got. We got to gap up.
Open phone.
You know what I mean? Just make sure y'all got damn, you know what I mean, trade stops and all that good shit. Genesis don't stop hunt. So if you're using Genesis,
yeah, that's sweet.
You know what I mean?
Zaya.
Sweet as fuck.
Using Hanko. Oh yeah, it's great.
Or liquid.
I think he's. Well, I ain't gonna get no advice, but
Hanko be swiping niggas off the clothes, boy. Word on game, boy. You fuck around and be in profit, goddamn like $200, but you check your shit at 501, bitch. You negative 400, and that be all off the spread. You be like, God damn. No, my mama like, what the fuck? And you still the price ain't went nowhere. On game spread just went from here to here. On game, that fucking up everything, boy. Fuck Hanko. Kiss my ass.
Hanko.
Nigga, kiss my ass, boy. It's Genesis for life now. Y'all done see me go from broker to broker within the last few goddamn months, just trying to figure shit out. Get the next best thing. I've never in my 9 years of trading seen a broker better than what Genesis got going on. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
That built-in calendar shit is dope too.
Say, Tracy, how you feel about binary option trading?
Scam. I ain't scam. I don't know not one person that's rich off binary in person. All Instagram shit. I don't know not one person, and I know a lot of traders now. My face card is real big, no bragging of that shit, but just saying that shit to say I know a lot of people. Not one of these traders is rich off binary. Not one. You know what I mean? That'd be all social media shit if you ask me, nigga. Nah, and if I'm wrong, prove it. Shit.
Ooh, come on, go.
Let it do what it do.
Market about to close in 10 minutes.
Pop that bitch.
Market about, well, yeah. I'll fuck around and pop. I'll fuck around and pop that. Oh,
yeah.
Nigga, I'll pop that bitch off the close. Shit me and hold that bitch right through close. Shit me. You on game. I ain't scared of nothing, nigga. Oh, mama. The fuck you gonna do? Go back and what the fuck you gonna do? What's the worst that can got them happen? Nothing, bitch. We done already smacked 5 million TPs, bitch. I'm holding everything. You know, shit. Where we at? Let me look at the high real quick. Where's the bitch at? Yeah, you stopping short of that high, act like you want to pull back. Yeah, man, fuck that.
It just picked up. Yeah, it just ran lows.
No, she just took that high though. No, I'm tripping. She took that high. That's why she got them going great. She took that high. Okay then, but at the same time, you still stopping short of this right up. You still playing, act like you don't got to get this little 1 minute gap right up. Still playing like you don't got to get that. But I can see why you stop. I see why you're doing what you're doing now. Because it's 2 1 minute gaps. We really zoom in and break this whole down. You got one right here, and then one that I got boxed up right on top. Stretch this first one out. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'm popping that. I'm popping that. Fuck that. Hey,
it's in a BPR. Yeah,
I'm popping that. Oh god. Hold on now. Hold on.
I think it's one more under that though.
I don't give a fuck about none of that.
It's one more gap she going for.
Put me in the game, coach. I think she just want to run that low right there.
47.26.
Popped she gonna go back and get those motherfucker eyes. Now this isn't an official signal. Yeah, if it was, I would have called it in the chat. You know what I mean? So with that being said, y'all please, if you listening to me, bitch, you better motherfucking be smart, bitch. This is not an official signal. This is what I call one of them gamble trades, but it's not really a gamble trade. It's just trying to catch a gap up.
That's a little risky.
You know what I mean? Yeah. So you gotta
I've been doing this shit every time market close.
Instant profit too. Never mind. Ugly. Ugly. Oh no, it's because the market about to close, so the spread.
And it's a gap under that, ain't it? 47.26.
She can get the belt too. You think I'm playing, nigga? She can get the belt
Nah,
too.
I got it marked up. I'm waiting on it. 47.26.
Yeah, I'm buying this clothes. I'm buying this clothes. Good. I already secured my money for the day, nigga. The worst thing I can happen with what I just popped, nigga, is I lose goddamn $200, nigga, and I'm up motherfucking damn near 2 racks for the day, nigga. Risk to reward, baby. Risk to
Yeah.
reward.
2 racks on a Monday.
Risk to reward. I'm definitely in that shit, though. I don't give a fuck about none of that.
Talking about beating ass.
What that baby song? How that baby song go? Pop that thing, let it clap, let it clap. I'm popping that thing, boy. I'm popping that thing, boy. Home game. Pop that thing, let it clap, let it clap. I'm finna remix that
Swear to
bitch.
God, I was so drunk last night. The room was like spinning while
So
like
y'all holding ass through the clothes and go.
in slow
Pop that
motion.
shit, make it clap, make it clap.
I
Two
swear to
ears, one
God.
mouth, Jaquan.
I
But look,
am.
at first before I put my look
Say what?
inside the
Two
juice,
ears, one mouth.
I was
Fuck game.
that's why I said what I
2 ears,
said
one
last
mouth.
night. You remember? Yeah.
You want to know something,
Doing
bitch?
what?
No, but I'm really still
Why that damn all that damn money you got, bitch? But you can't still fix that damn forehead, bitch. You got right there, bitch. That bitch still a mirror, bitch.
Bro, that's cool.
Ha
Bro.
ha!
Nigga, stupid.
God, God,
That's
God.
cool. That's cool. I respect that. That's cool. Your ass still ugly as hell. You still ain't got no
Ha
retwist and stuff.
Hey, it's okay. It's
ha!
okay. Cause when I get
Oh man,
when I get
that
the
bitch still ain't
retwist,
got
I'm
no
taking your
retwist. And
hoe.
he talking about he been got there making money for 3 months straight and ain't got no retwist.
Hey,
Don't make no
bitch.
goddamn
Ha
sense.
That be the
Fuck
nigga
out
with no
there.
haircut though.
Who the fuck does that? Who the fuck you think you is, J. Cole?
Yeah, yeah,
You better get your motherfucking haircut, stinking
yeah,
ass nigga.
yeah.
He said, hell yeah.
Oh god, fuck wrong with that
What
nigga.
they say? I'm woofing. I'm
Who
woofing.
else want to try and flame me before market close so I can get on your fucking ass?
I'm
Who
actually
else
in
want to
profit
join?
on before market close. I ain't gonna lie. I pop these bitches.
Who else want to goddamn try
I'm
and
Got
flame
it?
me?
gambling $80.
I'm gonna send your ass home with some good laughs and then get on your motherfucking ass and
I'm gambling $80.
you gambling 80. So you funded up $100. You put the whole damn thing on market open.
Yep.
That
So
bitch stupid.
What
that
the
bitch,
hell?
That bitch
he
goddamn
said that
Yeah,
stupid.
bitch
that's
liquidated.
gambling for sure.
Nah, you better not get waxed, bro. Don't get
Nah, I ain't
waxed.
gonna
Hey,
lie.
that's how you gotta
I
keep
didn't
your
gamble
foot
gold. I
down,
just
fuck.
gambled gold.
I'm finna see
I'm
you finna
gambling
see that
ass.
nigga in the chat like bro, I gotta fund up again, bro.
Chill, bro. Chill, bro. I'm
Nah,
gambling
bro, I
ass,
wish the
bro.
best for you because if we actually tell you actually got a good entry, bro. It depending, depending on where you got in at. You got a good
I'm
entry,
gambling
bro.
ass and gold. I ain't gonna lie.
Boy feeling
Come on,
risky.
gold. Ooh, I popped that bottom,
Ooh.
boy. Ooh, I popped that bottom. I told you. She gonna get right up off market, or she just
I
gotta
got
break that
I
gap. And
got
I think
3
she
gold entries.
yeah, I popped like 4 bitches. On gang. I ain't need to clip down them bitch. I'm up
Plus it's
$700
scared money
off the
don't bite.
close. And yeah, you gonna gap the fuck up and do what the fuck I say. Now, she don't gap the fuck up, bitch. Ooh, I hope y'all manage y'all shit wisely. Ooh, I hope y'all manage y'all shit wisely. Don't be stupid over here, boy. I hope you do not
Tracy,
take
I'm
the
trying to
whole
remember what
thing.
you said before. You said to have a good, juicy, like live account. You said 2,500 is like a sweet spot for it, for the most
Yeah,
part.
get a ruler and measure out your head from front to back. That's how much.
Yeah,
That's
this is bad.
that's how that's how much money you gotta put in your whoever that's saying inches,
This
nigga.
nigga
That nigga
stupid.
said
Yo,
Put
gambling
that
and
much.
match out your
Put
head.
that
This
much
nigga
thousand
sick.
into that motherfucker.
He's
Take a
Nigga,
so
so I
ruler.
hope your
sick.
pockets is
One of
look
them
at that
large.
motherfuckers.
ruler.
You go
Yo,
good. Put that bitch right here, front to back. That however many inches that is.
I
That's
said,
how many thousands of dollars you gotta put in that
I,
bitch.
I hope your
I
pockets
bet,
big as your
bro.
head
Bet.
is.
So put a ruler in that motherfucker, stretch from front to back.
Oh
That
my
mother-
gosh, bro.
oh god, that nigga head long like this way too. Oh shit. All right, I'm off that nigga ass. No, 2,500 though. 2,500 to 3 racks, sweet spot. That's where you
All
can
right.
make you some decent pay without having to risk your whole account to get it, nigga. That's why I be
Okay.
withdrawing every single TP smack.
All right. Bet, bet,
So
bet.
once they get to 2,500, nigga, I keep my account right there. Every single TP smack. Withdraw, nigga. And I'm at least making 3 to 500. And that's me not even got that's not even me got them going crazy for real, bitch. Y'all know me, I go ape shit. I trust myself way too much now, nigga. I be emptying the clip on the right trade, so bitch. I'm gonna flip 25 to 10 racks one trade. No gang, I am. You see what I'm saying? Cause I know when the
Bet.
fuck to keep on popping. Like now. Just pop gold again, bitch, in profit.
All right. Bet, bet.
While still holding the interest from the bottom, nigga. That's how you double up on they stupid ass.
So,
Already done secured a lot of that goddamn profits. Popped again, still got 2, 3 inches from the bottom. Now, if this bitch really swing up to those highs, like I'm telling you, or you gonna see a what? What I put in 700 this week? Or you gonna see a stupid flip like 700 about like 5
So you
racks.
be holding buys for like hours, days type shit. You feel me? Swinging that shit long.
It depends on if the market is given a play to do so.
That's the setup.
You know what I mean? If the market, if I'm in a higher time frame pullback, nigga, I'm gonna rock that bitch for the goddamn higher time frame swing. If it's some lower time frame liquidity play, I gotta get in, get out. Everything's scenario based.
So so if you got 20K, that shit is just that's
I had
fund
20K.
with.
I had 20K. I had 100,000 in 2 weeks, nigga.
Sheesh.
Good. Yeah, nigga talking about.
All you gotta do is just measure your head from the front to the back.
That's all you got to do.
I'm
Just
about to
measure your
measure
head
this.
from just measure that bitch from front to back, nigga, from
That
forehead to
nigga
the
said
cup.
from front to back.
From front to back, from where the
He
forehead, from
said
the
measure
hairline
that bitch
start.
My
Lenny
savings
can
ain't
do
that
that
big.
shit too. Lenny can. Y'all see Lenny? That nigga can measure his head from top to bottom. No game, like from
That's how it be.
top,
That's how it
from
be.
top of the
Hey,
head
it
to
was
chin, nigga.
hey, y'all
What?
seen that nigga Ian stomach in the camera?
Yeah, we been saying that. That nigga done slick
Y'all
as
ain't
hell.
see that shit, bro.
Man, nigga, that been over with, man. You dead, man.
Look at how the market pushes 1 minute before market close. Give us good.
Man.
We close and profit. That's good.
We get that gap up, I'm
We
taking
close and
profit
profit. I
off
think we
market
get the. I
open.
think we get the gap up. Cause look how she closing. Look how she closing. Look,
Hell
running
yeah.
stops.
That shit do
She's
look good.
closing, running stops. So she gonna gap up off that shit. Bro. I'm telling you. That's the
Woo!
run on. That's the run on stops. Just because the market is closed, don't mean it don't stop moving. So while the market is closed, the bitch gonna break structure bullish.
That
Yeah, I
one
like
candle.
Genesis do that
And
too.
look, and you wanna know how nasty I am? Watch this, nigga. Watch this happen. She gonna gap
Nigga.
up, right? And the gap up gonna be in the same place as these FVGs right here. So the new week opening gap, new day opening gap gonna be BPR. We gonna buy the pullback on that motherfucker and take ass up.
I was about
Watch
to
how
ask
Hey,
you,
no
you
more.
said
watch how
take a
nasty
new
that bitch
gap.
gonna
All
be.
right, it's closed.
No, it closed. And I'm in
Yeah,
profit off the close, baby.
I'm in
In
profit
profit off
too.
the close.
Oh,
in
God.
And on
profit.
Nas. Where did Nas close at?
Nas, it closed a little bit up
I
there too.
like the way I
I'm
like
on
the way it
profit
closed.
and eyes too.
I'm in profit on both of
I
them.
like the way Nas closed too because she ran stops. Then
Let's
it broke
go.
structure, and now he's out of a BPR. I mean, the only way she doesn't play, the only way she plays is if she want to come and get
That
this.
BPR below it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only way she plays. You know what I mean? But besides that, nigga, shit, nigga, holding everything, bitch. I don't give a fuck. TP, I mean, money already secured, bitch. Stop me out now. Okay, I don't care.
Nigga, that's $80, nigga.
Nah,
If it blow, it blow.
nah. You know
If
how
it
many
blow,
niggas?
it blow.
You know how many times niggas say it's just $80. Niggas
I
gonna
ain't
No,
never
lose
say.
ten.
gang.
I don't say that.
Niggas gonna lose 10 racks at
I
$80
got a
before they
job
make
and
a
shit,
thousand.
man. So I ain't tripping.
You better tighten the fuck up. $80, boy. And then this
It
ain't time
add
to
up,
gamble,
bro.
nigga.
Bro, I only risked
Yo, Zaya.
No, you risked the whole 80, nigga.
On God I didn't. On God I didn't. On God I
Yes,
didn't.
you did.
No, I didn't,
That
bro.
bitch gap down, that account wax, nigga. I'm
Nah, no,
telling you.
you're not lying. That shit big gap down.
I
But I
know.
think this low gonna hold on Nas. So I ain't worried about that. For gold look good too, shit.
I ain't worried about gold. I'll be
That's
more
why I
worried about
said I ain't tripping
I'll
right
be more
now.
worried about Nas than gold.
Nigga, I ain't worried about Nas, bro. Even if that shit come down, it's just gonna
I'm
come
not
right
worried
back
about
up.
this low right here. I know that low secured. What I will be worried about is her gapping down to get this. But if your entry is anywhere below that, you'll be smooth.
The low I'm looking at right now is at 29,236.
Because it induced it too.
Yeah, she induced it.
29,236. That's that low, bro. That's what I'm looking at.
She should. This shit right here protected, bitch. How the
She
fuck
come
you
back down and clean that shit is over with.
look at the 2 hour? We got 2 hour CRT off the close. Oh shit. No 4. But I like how the previous 4 hour candle closed on top of the last one. And this one is an inside.
Wait, we got an order block, bullish engulfing candle. And then hold on, go ahead. Was that the 4 hour you were just on? Or the daily? Yeah, the 4 hour. I bet. So we got a motherfucker order block, a bullish engulfing. And they retested back into that order block range. And then we closed out of it for market close. I ain't gonna lie, this bitch finna go take out them highs. For sure. I think the all-time high run on the way. Unless we pull back in that 4 hour gap. That was where I'm originally looking for when buys at, I ain't gonna lie.
All these lows is stopping short of
I
that
was
gap.
waiting on that shit last night.
All these lows is that
I ain't tripping, bro.
It's
If this
kind of
bitch
cool.
gap down on me, if she gap down
Nah,
to that
nah,
gap,
nah. But keep it gangster though. I just want these highs. Like all time highs
that's
is
what I
cool to be
want, bro.
precious, but
That's
I
all
just
I
want
want, bro.
them. I just want them, and I think that the CRTs is happening is gonna send it there before even if she wanted to drop off. I think she'll get them first. I do.
That's what
I
I'm thinking too.
I do. But boy, the bitch said stop and short of that gap down
No
that bitch,
cap,
boy. Okay,
no
but that
cap.
gap down, that bitch sitting
That bitch,
pretty, boy.
ooh.
That bitch want to gap down, boy. That bitch gonna be crucial.
That bitch go nya
Ooh,
nya nya nya.
We gonna
ooh,
see.
that bitch gonna be crucial. She gap down, boy. That bitch gonna be crucial.
We
But it's
gonna
okay
That
though, cause she gonna
boy,
gap up and go get
we
them
gonna
highs.
see a 5 minute count of so motherfucking nasty go
That bitch
down,
gonna be
bitch.
so nasty, boy. I ain't. That's why I said I ain't worried about gold, bitch. I'm more worried about Nas. That's why I said that. I ain't worried about gold.
Man,
No.
fuck it.
I ain't worried
We in
about
that
gold.
bitch now.
And even if these bitches play, nigga, once again, this is why managing y'all goddamn trades is so fucking important, bitch. Y'all should have secured y'all pay for the day.
Yeah.
Oh man, if you ain't take no partials on nothing, got them
Oh, I'm
oh,
already
that's
up
your
for the day
ass.
on my futures
If you
accounts,
ain't
bro.
take not nail partial and this bitch gap down, that's your motherfucking ass right there. Oh, that's your ass, boy. That's your ass. I'm telling you that right now. That's your motherfucking ass.
I'm finna be looking for the orb off of
Nah,
that.
he told us
Oh,
earlier
bro.
when I asked. You said just take
That
TP1.
first
So it's
15 minute
just,
counter.
TP1.
Hey,
just
that
take
first
partial.
30-minute counter gonna let me know when that's
Man,
gonna be there.
I
Just
took
take
partials off on TP1 and TP2 and I
in
popped
and
this
out.
bill right there.
That
Yeah.
first 15-minute counter gonna let
Swinging
me know.
swinging trades give me anxiety, bro. I ain't got there yet. I'm working on it.
Actually, nigga, we failed to get a change in state on the
Yes, I
lows.
ain't scared of none, gangster. I got in late. Yo ass is grass. Yo ass is grass. If we die, how much you pay for the SRT? That's a good 32,000.
32K.
We need to
32.
talk about
That's pretty low.
We get inducing the fuck
Yeah,
out of this
I
gap
got a
right.
good deal. It was 60,000. It was 60,000 miles on it. That bitch came souped up too. I got a real good mile. I got a real good deal on that bitch.
Gang.
2016 SRT. They had like 60,000 on the dash. Souped the fuck up, nigga. That bitch came with a police scanner that bitch came with a police scanner. I took the police scanner out though. That shit too goddamn much.
I would have kept that bitch in there.
That bitch be draining the
Word.
battery.
you so
If you
fucking
do it
up the
right.
battery.
Go fucking up
I
the
was
battery.
fucking up the
And I
battery.
had to pay.
Like draining.
I had to pay $3,000 to get my whole goddamn sound system and everything rewired in the car. Cause nigga, that's probably why I got the car for so goddamn cheap, nigga. Cause they knew that motherfucking goddamn sound system fucked up. Oh god.
Bro,
So I had
we
to pay. I
induced
went
the
and paid
fuck
three
out of
racks
a
to get everything
BPR.
brand new. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm finna get up off here. Y'all got questions for me though? Hey, amazing motherfucking call. Two motherfucking trades. All nigga TP smash, nigga.
You
Remember,
putting a
nigga.
sell limit on that ass, bitch.
Your ass a bitch. You
At
scary.
350, bitch.
That nigga a bitch.
All
I
right,
ain't talking
y'all.
about that. That nigga.
What do
Y'all got
you
any,
mean?
I
See you
mean,
next Zoom call.
y'all know where to find me if y'all need me, man. Please
Yeah,
tag me in
when's the
all
next
motherfucking profits that
I
we
will
made
tag
today.
you. I will
I
tag you.
mean, do you have any
Especially if
questions
the
for me
open
today
play
before we
out is over
swerve?
with it.
Y'all got any questions for me before I swerve?
Yes, can we pay $20 for you to live stream the thingy?
I'll let y'all know about the live stream, man. I'm gonna text Shorty today. We're gonna see what's up with the goddamn live stream. I got y'all.
Okay.
Man, post it as an exclusive video on your YouTube.
Yeah, I'm gonna make niggas be. I'm gonna make a
Yeah, just
bag
post
off
it
the
an
live
exclusive
stream.
video on your YouTube.
Get
Like they
on
gotta
later.
join your channel membership. You know how to do that shit.
Nigga said get on Zoom later, nigga.
Good
No.
looking, Tracy.
No gang. I was
Nigga,
gonna
you
say
don't get a
hell
free
no.
second Zoom, bitch.
On my soul, bitch. Even if you in the Discord, nigga, what the hell, nigga? I just stay on this bitch. I
The
got a free
fuck?
4 hours.
My nigga,
That's
come
y'all
on,
time
G.
for the day, nigga. It's over. We stay on this bitch about 3, 4
Come on,
hours.
come on, G.
Y'all niggas done
What'd
for
you
me.
make on
Oh,
them
I'm
two
saying,
plays?
yeah, the baddies call. Yeah. I gotta get. We gonna. Yeah, I gotta run it. I keep forgetting. I gotta run that shit. I forgot I said that shit, but I stay on that though. I gotta get with y'all. I'm gonna hit y'all in the chat. And it ain't gonna be too long of a call. It's gonna be later on tonight though. So I'll see what time y'all free. And then we'll go from there. Okay. Also my one-on-one mentees, and if y'all ain't on, if any of y'all on the call, I'm gonna get with y'all in the chat too. And I'm talk to y'all today. Once again, if you send me a screenshot for the free signal chat, I'm gonna get with y'all as soon as I get up off this bitch. If you need me, you know where to find me. Good motherfucking call for the day and good money secured. 3-0 to start the week. Let's keep this motherfucking energy going. Everybody cash the fuck out. All right. Love you guys.
Appreciate
Have a
you,
good rest of
I'm
the
Esco.
night,
taking a
motherfuckers.
Appreciate
withdrawal off
you.
market.